Guys, we got our first 9 weeks report cards.
Dang it, dude, I was so close. I could have had all F's.
Joseph, how did you get a D?
Bro, I turned in a piece of homework.
What? How do you expect to get all F's if you're turning in homework?
I don't know. I wasn't thinking. Next time I'll try less.
Yeah, try less harder next time.
Well, guys, I'm on my way to Harvard because I got all A's.
Did someone say all A's?
Oh, God, it's Billy.
Oh, come on, Billy.
Come on, dude. Why are you here?
Well, I heard you guys talking about AIDS, and I didn't know if someone wanted some more AIDS. Junior, I don't see very many AIDS on your report card. You want some more AIDS?
We don't want your AIDS, Billy.
Why?
Because nobody wants AIDS. You're trying to poke people with an AIDS needle. We don't care about AIDS.
I mean, AIDS is pretty cool.
No, it's not. You're not cool and you're not funny. Go away.
Oh, I am so cool and funny.
You're not supposed to be cool and funny. You're supposed to be scary. Aren't you supposed to, like, make traps?
I make traps. I make traps.
You have not made traps in a long time. All you do is try to poke people with that stupid AIDS needle.
I totally make traps.
No, you're just the AIDS guy now.
Yeah, you're not funny and you're not cool.
Oh, I can totally be funny. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
AIDS.
Okay, that's it. Let's go to a movie, Ken.
Wait. You're supposed to say AIDS who?
AIDS who?
You have AIDS.
God damn it, let's go!
Come on, Joseph, let's leave.
Wait, guys, where you going? The phone was just getting started.
Listen, we don't want to hang out with you, Billy. We're not your friend. You're not funny and you're not cool. And you don't even make traps.
You don't think I'm funny and cool? I'll show you funny and cool.
Where am I?
Hello, Cody. I would like to play a game.
Oh no! The TV's upside down!
No, you're upside down.
Oh, that explains a lot, actually. Why?
Well, I want to play a game. You'll notice you're holding 2 ropes. One rope will set you free. The other rope will release the 2 bowling balls, crushing your head. The decision is yours.
I'd like to pull the rope that makes me not die?
Oh, but which one? Since you're so smart, make the right decision.
Okay, I have a question. Why are you doing this?
Well, you don't like me. The only thing you like is balls. So let's see how much you like balls crushing your skull.
Okay, but how is this supposed to teach me a lesson? Do you not like that I like balls? How does that affect your life personally? Are you a homophobe or something?
No, I love homos. I mean, no homo. I'm not gay or anything, but I'm not a homophobe. I have a friend that's gay, I think. Like he gets a chubby when watching football. But have you seen football players' asses? Jiggly as shit. I mean, I wouldn't mind letting them give me AIDS.
Sounds like you might be gay, dude.
Anyway, did I forget to mention that the rope you pull that saves your life also means you have to be my best friend? I'm talking hang out.
Okay, alright, man, sure.
I mean, really hang out. Go to the movies and get the same popcorn and drink out of the same slushie.
Yeah, that sounds fine.
And also, we have to, start texting each other good morning and good night and stuff, and start Snapchatting each other, and we can, share our locations.
Are you, asking me out?
No. Are you, asking me out? Cause gay, am I right? Also, you can't talk to that Ken doll anymore, cause I want to be exclusive. I'll even tell you which rope.
Oh, alright. Yeah, tell me which rope.
It's the left rope, buddy.
Okay, I'm just gonna pull the right one then.
Oh, damn! He must have gotten his rights and lefts mixed up.
What the hell's going on?
Well. If it isn't PJ Crenshaw, James Crenshaw, Jamie James Crenshaw.
That's my name. Don't wear it out. But seriously though, why am I here, bro? What's going on?
Well, PJ Crenshaw, you're the coolest kid ever.
Damn right.
So whoever you say is cool is instantly cool.
Yup.
So I want to play a game. The machine you're tied to can slowly crush you. There's a cell phone next to you. If you call everyone in your contacts and tell them I'm cool, I'll let you go. So what's it gonna be, PJ Crenshaw?
Nah, man, I just don't think you're that cool.
No, seriously, just pick up the phone, maybe tell a few girls. I mean, even just an Instagram post saying Billy's cool or something.
Nah, man, I really don't want to flood Instagram with spam posts.
I mean, it's not a spam post. You don't even have to say I'm cooler than you, just cool. Like hype me up, dog. Say I'm Baby Gronk or I'm the funniest guy you've ever met or something.
Nah, man, I just don't wanna.
I don't think you understand. You will literally die by being crushed to death slowly. You could even just keep the poster for like 5 minutes and then take it down. You could even say that you got like hacked.
Nah, can't.
I really don't think you understand. This will literally crush you to death.
It's gotta be what it's gotta be.
Listen, if you just say right now that Billy is cool, like no pose, no phone call, like literally just right now, say Billy is cool, I'll let you go.
Cowabunga!
He died the way he lived, so damn cool.
Wait, what's going on?
Dude?
Joseph, wait, what's happening to us?
I don't know, we're in some type of contraption!
Help! Help!
Help!
Wait, Joseph, that TV's turning on.
What?
Hello, Joseph and Junior.
Oh, God, it's Billy.
Dude, what the hell does he want?
What do you want, Billy?
Come on, you aren't happy to see me?
No, and we don't want to play your stupid games.
Yeah, dude.
Well, I think you're gonna want to play this game. It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I don't think we're going to like your game.
If you would just give me a second to explain, you might want to play. So, Junior, you are rigged to a guillotine, and if it drops, it will decapitate you. Joseph, you are attached to some spiky wall thing that I made, and if it closes, you will be impaled to spiky things on a wall.
Let me guess. All these nails have AIDS?
Actually, no. No AIDS on all those nails.
Oh, that's surprising, dude.
Only one nail doesn't have AIDS on it, but all the other nails do have AIDS on them. I ran out of AIDS.
Oh.
So, you're probably wondering, Billy, how do we get out of here without dying? Well, each of you have a remote with a green button on it, and all you have to do is press the button on your remote. But Junior, if you press your green button, Joseph will die, and you'll be set free. And Joseph, if you press your green button, Junior will die, and you will be set free. So, what are you gonna do? Kill your friend and save yourself? You decide.
Well, I'm never going to kill my friend.
Yeah, dude, we're best friends forever.
So what happens if we never choose, huh?
Well, if neither of you decides who dies within 10 minutes, you both go free.
Oh, well, I guess we both won't press the button for 10 minutes.
Yeah, dude, that's easy.
Oh yeah, sure, you can do that, but let me go ahead and ask you guys a few questions. Joseph, would you say Junior's girlfriend Penelope is hot?
Nah, dude.
So you think she's ugly?
I mean, pretty much, yeah.
Junior, how does it feel knowing that he thinks you have an ugly girlfriend?
I mean, he says that all the time. I mean, I like that he's not attracted to my girlfriend.
Oh, okay, well, Junior, would you say that you're a racist?
No, I'm not racist. I'm literally friends with Joseph. He's black.
Yeah, that's my nigga, though.
Okay, well, let me ask you a question. Would you ever say the N-word? Like, ever?
No.
See, that's my dog. He wouldn't do that. He know better.
Okay, well, completely unrelated question. What happens to a little kid's knee when he gets older? Like his knee is smaller when he's a kid, but it gets bigger when he's an adult. What does his knee do?
It grows.
But what grows? I don't understand. What could be growing?
His knee?
You aren't being specific with your answer. Say it in a complete sentence. What does his knee do?
His knee...
Who do you hate?
What?
Just answer the first question. What do you think his knee does?
His knee...
Who do you hate?
What are you saying? I keep trying to answer the question. You keep interrupting me.
Just answer the first question. Even if I interrupt, don't let it stop you. What does his knee do?
His knee...
Who do you hate?
Grows.
He said the N-word! He said it! He hates black people! What a racist, Joseph! What do you think about that, huh? You wanna kill him, huh?
Bro, you hate black people?
No, he tricked me!
No, I didn't trick you. I think Junior said it as a hate crime. I think he was just expressing how he truly feels.
That's not how I feel, Joseph, I promise.
Really, dude?
Yeah, ask me another question. I promise I'm not racist.
Okay, if you had to get rid of one holiday, erase it from existence, the history behind it, its significance, everything, which holiday would you get rid of? Christmas or Juneteenth?
Dude, you better choose Christmas.
Oh, hell no. I'm not getting rid of Christmas. Christmas is amazing. Everyone gets presents.
Bro, my freedom is a present.
Well, think about this. Look, there's Christmas trees and Santa Claus and Christmas lights.
Look, without Juneteenth, my freedom would not exist. That would mean I would be a present to you, and that's not fair.
Okay, just straight up, Joseph, I think slavery is wrong. But if you were my slave, I would give you presents.
I'm pressing this damn button.
Congratulations, Joseph. You can go free.
Oh, thank God, dude.
But wait. To be free, you have to be my new best friend.
Oh, hell nah. You can kill me right now, in the worst way.
Why does nobody want to be my friend?
Oh no, Jeffy's putting tape on the couch again.
Oh no, Jeffy, stop it!
Baby, get the laser pointer.
Okay.
Jeffy, stop putting tape on the couch. Stop it.
Here, Jeffy, go get it! Go get it! Come on, Jeffy!
Yeah, get the laser. Make him go out of the room.
Okay. Go get it, Jeffy! Go get it! Go get it!
Oh, there's someone at the door. Baby, keep playing with Jeffy. I'm gonna answer the door. Hello?
Hey Marvin, can I come inside? I just need someone to talk to.
Yeah, sure, buddy.
Thank you.
Hey Dane, look what I did to the couch. I made it all pretty.
Baby, you're supposed to distract him with the laser pointer.
The laser pointer died, Marvin!
And I ran out of tape. Can you go to the store and buy me some more?
Get out of here, Jeffy.
Okay.
Oh, there's tape all over the couch. Baby, you're supposed to hide the tape.
I did, Marvin, but he found it. He always finds it.
Why is there tape all over your couch?
My son likes to put tape on the couch. Listen, what do you want to talk about?
Well, I was on my way to my 27-year high school reunion, but then I found out that my high school bully's gonna be there, so now I don't want to go.
Why do you have a 27-year high school reunion?
Oh, well, after the 25th year, people start dying, so they just do it every year. It's pretty sad.
Oh, well, you said your high school bully's gonna be there?
Yeah, Candy Randy.
Candy Randy?
Yeah, let me tell you the story. So back in high school, there was this kid named Randy that everybody called Candy Randy because he would sell candy to everybody in the school. Now, for some reason, Randy didn't like me. I can't imagine why. But usually, he would only charge $1 for his candy. But then one day, a couple hours before lunch, I was hungry and I had $1 burning a hole in my pocket. So I went up to Randy and I was like, hey Randy, let me get some Skittles. And he said, for you, that'll be $2. And I said, Randy, that's bullshit because usually you only charge $1 and I only have $1. But he still wouldn't sell me the Skittles. So I did what any man would do, and I picked my nose and I wiped a booger on him. And Randy didn't like that at all. He was pissed off and he stood up and said, okay, meet me after school by the flagpole and me and you are gonna fight. And then all the students and all the teachers went, ooh, so I pretty much had to do it at that point. So then I spent the whole rest of my day trying to figure out how I could fake my own death so I didn't have to fight Randy. I even tried to call my mom and see if she would check me out of school, but she wouldn't do it. So then, after school, I went up to the flagpole and there was this huge crowd of people gathered around. And they were all chanting, Randy, Randy. And I was like, that's not fair. I can fight Randy. I got this. All he ever does is eat candy. I can take him. So then I started throwing haymakers, and Randy just kept dodging them. And then Randy started beating the shit out of me. I mean, he was good. And then the worst part is his hands were still sticky from eating all that candy. And then after he got done beating me up, he took my underwear and tied it to the flagpole, and then he hoisted my underwear up like a flag. And then my underwear had a skid mark in it, so that was horrible. And then everybody started saying the Pledge of Allegiance to my underwear. I've never been so embarrassed in all my life. So that's the story of Candy Randy.
Well, that's dumb. There's no way all your classmates are going to remember that 27 years later.
Oh, believe me, they're gonna remember the skid mark. It was huge. I practically shit my pants.
You didn't wipe that day?
Have you ever tried to wipe your ass with toilet paper at a school? It's like trying to wipe your ass with Taco Bell napkins. They're all rough and they're thin. I'd rather not even wipe, which is why I didn't. But my ass was itching a lot, though.
I still think you should go to your high school reunion.
Well, look, I'm not going, okay? I spent $150 to rent this suit for the night, and I don't want it to go to waste. So I was just wondering if you guys wanted to go to, like, Red Lobster. Maybe if we're feeling classy, we could try going to Applebee's. I mean, I really want to go to Outback, but there's no way I can reserve a table this late. Nah, not with their bloomin' onions.
Did you say Candy Randy?
Yeah, do you know him?
Yeah, there was a guy at the gas station named Randy who sold candy.
Wait, what do you look like? Did you look like an asshole?
No, he had cornrows and tattoos.
Yep, that's him. That's that asshole.
What, you know him?
Yeah, he sold me candy for $1.
$1 for you? Why did it have to be $2 for me, Randy? Why?
Well, listen, you got to get over this Randy guy. So I think you should go to your high school reunion, go up to him with $1 and try to buy some candy. Maybe he'll like you now and you can get over all this stuff.
Yeah, I guess you're right. I mean, it has been 27 years. Maybe he's cool now. Yeah, I'm gonna go, and I'll come back and tell you guys how it went.
What happened? happened?
Well, I got to the reunion and Randy was selling candy for $1, so I tried to give him $1 and then he punched me in the face and he took my $1 and then he pulled my underwear out and there were still skid marks on it and then he started waving my underwear around and everybody started laughing and calling me skid mark guy and poopklin guy, and that's not even clever.
Yeah, Randy does have anger issues.
How many times did you see this Randy guy?
Well, we dated like 10 years ago.
You dated a candy salesman at a gas station?
He was nice! He gave me candy!
Oh my god, is he hot?
Hell no.
Why would you date a guy who sells candy at a gas station? I want to see him. Call him over.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I want to see him right now. We're gonna beat him up.
Okay, I think I still have his number. Let me get my yearbook. Okay, here's my yearbook.
Aw, your wife signed it?
Oh no, she signed that after we were already married because she thought it'd be cute. She didn't even go to the same school as me.
Wait, who's Baked Ziti Feety Petey?
Okay, look, I don't have time to explain all the names in the book, okay, but I'll explain that one. See, I went to high school with this guy named Petey, and we all called him Baked Ziti Petey because he always brought baked ziti to lunch and ate it, but then he went on a ski trip and he got frostbite on both his feet, so he had to heat him up by putting his feet in pans of baked ziti and walking around, so we started calling him Baked Ziti Feety Petey.
All the names in your yearbook sound like freaks.
Yeah, they are.
Alright, so look, there's Candy Randy's number. I still can't believe you dated a guy who sold candy at a gas station.
It was forever ago, Marvin.
Well, look, call him over here because I want to have a word with him.
Okay, let me go get my phone. Okay, I called him and there he is.
Oh, hey, what's going on, Dookie Pants?
Don't call me that in front of my friends.
You ain't got no friends.
Yes, I do. I have 2 and they're right here.
Oh, shit, is that Rosebud?
Hey, Randy.
Hey, you trying to get another taste of this pixie stick?
No, Randy, I'm married now.
Oh, well, that's a shame, because you just want a golden ticket to the white chocolate factory. You trying to see my Willy Wonka?
Randy, meet my husband, Marvin.
Ex-husband.
Marvin!
So you on the market? Because I'm trying to see where these little piggies are going. Hopefully they're going to be wee-wee-weeing all the way back to my place.
No, Randy, I'm married.
Well, he's one lucky man, because I remember when you used to lick me like a lollipop. You know, like that Lil Wayne song? You know that song, old man?
I've heard it.
What did you see in him?
Well, I can tell you what she didn't see, a 401k or a high credit score. But what she did see was 7.3 inches below the waist on a good day. And every day was a good day.
Okay, you know what? I think we should just talk about why we invited you over here.
Oh, my bad. I was just reminiscing how I used to make her my Cadbury cream egg. You know what a Cadbury cream egg is?
Yeah, I know what it is. Listen, how about this? So Brooklyn guy wants to call you over here because he wants to fight you.
Well, I didn't say that.
Oh, so he trying to get his ass beat.
Well, no, he wants a professional fight in a boxing ring tonight.
What? No, Randy, I didn't say that.
Okay, well, you're wrong. Well, you better start training. I'll see you tonight.
What, Marvin, why would you do that?
Because you need to fight him. You need to get revenge. Listen, you need a professional fight that you actually train for so you can beat him up.
But I already have a black eye. He's gonna kick my ass.
Well, look, we're gonna do a training montage. We're gonna fix your eye up, and you're gonna be ready to fight him, okay?
Okay.
Come on.
Oh, Marvin, I am so ready. I am ready to cheat.
But cheat?
Oh, yeah, there's no way I'm gonna fight Randy fairly. He'd kick my ass. I don't think hitting punching bags for 20 seconds is gonna help me fight.
Well, how are you gonna cheat?
I'm gonna poison him with tetrodotoxin.
What is that?
It is a very rare poison found in the pufferfish that will make him completely paralyzed, except he can feel everything. So when he's on the ground, not able to move, I'm gonna be wailing on him like, fight back, bitch! You can't!
Okay, so how are you gonna get the poison in him?
Well, that's why I have these glasses. See, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna challenge Randy to a friendly water drinking competition. See, Randy is very competitive, so there's no way he's gonna say no. So I'm just gonna fill up these 2 glasses here, and then I'm gonna take my poison and put it in Randy's glass. He's never gonna know. Okay, I'm gonna go call Randy.
Okay, I'm gonna keep stirring this so that it dissolves.
Okay, I called him and there he is.
Hey, what's going on, Dookie Pants?
I don't even care that you called me Dookie Pants.
Okay, so what are we doing?
Well, I thought before our fight we should hydrate. So I challenge you to a competition to see who can take the fastest sip of water.
Okay, I'll do that. Water's good for your body.
Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! Oh man, Randy, it looks like you won!
Yeah, 'cause you too slow. You better be fast in the fight.
Marvin, he's so stupid. He drank the poison. What the fuck? Marvin, I can't move!
Well, did you drink the poison?
Marvin, did you switch the cups?
You never told me to switch the cups!
You didn't switch the cups?
You never told me to switch the cups!
God damn it, I thought you said you were gonna switch the cups!
No, you never told me to switch the cups. I mean, I guess it would make sense that we should switch the cups, but you had the cup of poison in front of you, but I thought you switched the cups.
No, I didn't have time. He came over so fast. God damn it, I can't move. I can't fight now.
Well, you still have to fight. We can't back out.
I have to back out. I can't move.
No, what if you still fight, but I'm in the ring and I throw the punches with your arm?
But that's stupid.
No, it's gonna work. We gotta do something, okay? So let's just go to the fight.
Okay, but you have to drag me.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
I can't move, remember?
All right, buddy. Are you ready for your big fight?
No, I can't move.
But we have a plan. I'm gonna swing your punches for you.
They're gonna see you.
Maybe they won't. We went over this. Come on, let's go.
I want to forfeit.
All right, I want a nice and clean fight. We're going 3 rounds, just like I do with my wife every night. You better have my dinner ready, woman.
I can relate.
All right, you ready? Okay, go!
I'm about to beat your butt like I did in high school.
I'm gonna swing for you.
Okay.
Oh, wait, hold on. You can't swing for him.
Well, I'm his trainer.
Go and train your ass in the corner, sir.
No, ref, it's okay. He can stay in. I'll beat his ass too.
Are you sure about that?
Oh yeah.
All right then. 2v1, go!
Thank God. Ow, goddamn, Marvin, protect my face!
I'm trying out. He's hit me.
Well, one of us is gonna get hit.
Time out.
Time out.
Ref, there ain't no timeouts in boxing.
I know, but they ass needed.
Come on. Let's go think of a plan.
Okay.
All right, we have to think of a plan.
Yeah, no shit. Marvin, I think we should just tell them that I tried to cheat and then reschedule for a time when I can actually use my body.
You want to tell your high school bully you tried to cheat when fighting him?
No, but I also don't want him to beat the ever-loving shit out of me again.
No, look, we have to think of a plan because that's embarrassing if you tell him you tried to cheat.
Okay, what if you get on top of my head and you control me like Ratatouille, like you pull my hair?
Does that really work? I think that was just an animated movie.
Yeah, you're right. I just have a kink for having my hair pulled.
Ooh, I got an idea. What if I let him hit you in the face, and then while he's hitting you in the face, I start hitting him?
Okay, and then we take turns?
No. He just keeps hitting you in the face because he's not going to see it coming. Because while he's beating you up, I'll come up from behind him and start hitting him in the head.
Okay, you know what? Fine, let's try it.
Okay, we're going to win. Watch this.
All right, I'm counting this as round 2, because your ass lost the first round.
That's fair.
Look, try to put your hands up.
Oh, believe me, I wish I could.
Listen, man, I feel bad for you, so I'm gonna do you a solid. I'm only gonna fight you with my left hand.
See? That's generous. Only the left hand in his 2v1. He's handing it to you on a silver platter.
Oh yeah, there's no way I could lose.
Look. Are y'all ready? Round 2. Go!
I call this one my gut punch.
Oh my God!
Ow, Marvin, help me! Ow!
I wasn't expecting to hit me in the stomach first.
Do you quit? Do you forfeit?
Yes!
Winner!
Damn! I beat your ass in high school and I beat your ass as an adult.
I have a spit kink too, so that works.
Oh my God! I can't believe you forfeit. We could have won.
No, we couldn't.
Let's go. Come on, buddy.
Marvin, today was very embarrassing.
Well, you would have had a chance to win if you didn't cheat.
Well, it would have worked if you switched the cups.
You never told me to switch the cup.
I thought it went without saying.
You should have told me to switch the cups.
Marvin, I hate when we argue.
Yeah, me too.
I'm sorry, buddy.
I'm sorry too. Well, there's one thing we have in common. We both hate Candy Randy.
Oh yeah, fucking hate that guy.
Yeah, he's the worst. You want to help me take tape off the couch?
Sure, just roll me over. I'll do it with my mouth.
That's what she said.
That's a good one.
Yeah, so... You gonna help?
Yeah, you gotta roll me over there.
Oh.
Yeah. Yeah, okay.
I hate when he puts all this tape.
God, I wish I had teeth.
And done. Finished another one.
What are you doing, baby?
I'm making snowflakes with Jeffy.
Oh, those look so good.
Thank you.
How does yours look, Jeffy?
Mine look like dick.
What, Jeffy, you made it look like dick.
You said my snowflakes look like dick!
Marvin, that's mean.
No, he literally cut out the word dick on his. And what is this supposed to be?
Penises.
Jeffy! They're sewing up the door. I'll get it. Hello?
Knock, knock.
Hello?
What do you mean, hello? I said knock, knock. You're supposed to say who's there.
But I already see you. I know who's there.
I was doing a knock, knock joke.
But you rang the doorbell, and I already opened the door.
That's why I said knock, knock. But have you never done a knock, knock joke before?
Not at my actual door.
Just let me in. You ruined my joke.
Who's at the door, Marvin?
It was the cop.
Shut up. Let me tell the joke. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
No bell.
No bell who?
No bell. That's why I knocked.
But we have a doorbell, and he rang it.
You keep ruining my jokes. Okay, fine. Here's another one. Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Haywood.
Haywood who?
Haywood, you blow me. See, he liked it.
Why are you here?
Well, it's sad boy hours because I just found out I'm going to jail for 21 days.
But you're a cop. You can go to jail?
Yeah, surprisingly, cops can break laws too. Yeah, I got a DUI again for the 6th time.
And you're gonna go to jail for it?
Yeah, they plastered the video of it all over the news. So whatever you do, please don't watch the news.
Baby, turn on the news.
Aw.
Breaking news, MK! A police officer was arrested for a DUI and thought he was above the law. We have the shocking body cam footage here.
Shit.
Hey, mate, you been drinking tonight?
Hey, you can't pull me over, okay? I'm a cop. I pull people over, not you.
How much have you had to drink tonight?
I have only had 6 beers, but they come in a pack of 6. So basically 1, so you can't arrest me.
You're not making this easy on me, mate. You know my body cam's on.
Oh, the body cam. Where was that body cam? Is that it? Hey, body cam. Fuck you, okay? I do what I want. I'm above the law.
Oh, mate, you know I'm gonna have to place you under arrest. Go ahead and step out of the vehicle.
I'm gonna run.
Please don't.
I'm gonna do it. Here I go. No.
Mate, you're not going anywhere. You know the car's in park.
Shit. Well,
Yeah, you're under arrest.
I guess you got me.
Oh, wow. You were ugly, disgusting drunk.
Yeah, well, your snowflake looks like dick.
You said my snowflake looks like dick.
It was his snowflake, not mine.
Oh my god, I'm so sorry.
Your joke's not funny anymore.
Aw, now we're all sad.
So why are you here telling us you're going to jail?
Well, there is a problem, because I mean, this is a video after all. So the judge sends me to 21 days in jail, and he gave me this go to jail card. See, it says go to jail, go directly to jail, do not pass go, do not collect any cash. So I've been suspended without pay, and I have to report to jail tomorrow. Of course, I already told my wife I had to go to jail today. My problem is I'm going to be in jail on Christmas, and now I'm worried I might not get any presents from Santa. So I was thinking I could spend the night here and maybe go up to the North Pole and try to trick Santa into thinking Christmas is tonight so I can get my presents early.
But won't you be on the naughty list because of the DUIs?
Oh, I don't think Santa cares about some DUIs. I mean, the song says you better not pout, you better not cry, not you better not get a DUI.
But it also says be good for goodness sake, and DUIs are bad.
Well, that's why when I'm in the North Pole, I can put my name on the nice list.
You're not sad that you're not going to see your wife or daughter on Christmas?
Hell no, I suck at giving gifts anyway. I'm only good at receiving them, like oral. Yeah, last year I gave my daughter a Blu-ray copy of the movie Zephora, because she wanted Sephora, you know, like the makeup, and I got confused. So on Christmas, we all sat around watching Zephora, and we were all really disappointed, both by the movie and my mistake. And I also gave my wife some pretty bad top.
Oh, so you have to go to the North Pole?
Well, I wanted you to come with me.
Oh, can I go?
Yeah, sure, the more the merrier. Everybody can come.
Can I come?
No! Fuck you! Come on, guys, let's go.
Okay.
Here you go, Santa.
Huh?
I brought you your milk and cookies for dinner.
Oh, thanks, Pepper. Where's my chocolate chip cookies?
Well, this is Oreos. It's Milk's favorite cookie.
It's not my favorite. And what the hell is this? 2% reduced fat?
Well, you've been gaining a lot of weight, Santa.
I know I've been gaining some weight, and plus, you know I'm lactose intolerant.
Good one, Santa.
Pepper, you're a weird little fucker, but I like you.
Santa, it's time to check your list.
Oh, I hate checking the list.
But Santa, you gotta check it twice.
Okay. It's all there.
Santa, you gotta check it twice.
Okay.
Santa, you didn't really check it.
Is that better?
You didn't look.
I'm having my milk and cookies.
But Santa, the letters from the children came in for Christmas.
The deadline's already passed. They're gonna get what they get.
Can I have a cookie, Santa?
Oh, sure, Pepper. Go ahead.
Thank you. Oh, the darn thing's stuck. I hate when it gets stuck. I don't want to rip it, because then the cookies will go stale. I almost got it. Hold on. Sorry, Santa.
Come on, Pepper, hurry up.
Oh, I think I'm getting it. It's coming along.
All right, time's up, Pepper.
Aww. Wow, Santa, you're so strong.
Look, there's Santa. He's eating his milk and cookies. And look, there's the Naughty or Nice book. Now I just need somebody to distract him while I check and see if my name is on the nice list. If not, I'll add it.
How are we going to distract Santa Claus?
I got an idea.
Pepper, these cookies taste like shit. I think they're expired.
No, I just put one in my ass. You just got the wrong cookie.
Pepper, you're a weird little fucker, but I like you.
Hey, Santa, I just subscribed to Mrs. Claus's OnlyFans.
What? Let me see that. Come on, Elves.
Quick, Marvin, pass me the book.
Here you go.
Let me see. Let me check naughty first. Oh no, I'm right there. I'm number 4.
Wait a minute. I'm on the naughty list too?
Marvin, we didn't come here to fix yours. You still have until Christmas to be nice. I'm going to jail. Hold on, let me just scratch this out. Okay, now I gotta put it in nice.
Okay, I'm gonna be the lookout.
Okay, I added my name to the nice list. Well, actually, I spelled my name wrong the first time because I'm dyslexic. But now all we have to do is convince Santa that tonight is Christmas so he delivers my presents.
Hey, you're messing with the naughty or nice list, Santa!
Jump her, Marvin!
What, jump her?
Yes, get her! Wait, Marvin, why the hell are you wearing that elf suit?
I was thinking that I could dress like an elf and tell Santa that tonight's Christmas and he'll believe me.
Oh, good idea, Marvin. Wish I'd thought of that. Oh shit, he's coming. I'll hide under the table.
Oh, I can't believe Mrs. Claus created an OnlyFans page and only charging $4 to see pictures of her hoo-ha. You can get a 4 for $4 at Wendy's for that. Probably tastes better and a little less fishy.
Ha ha ha, funny, Santa.
Where's your glasses, Pepper?
I dropped them on the ground.
Oh. Hopefully you didn't stick this one in your ass too.
What? Nope, not that one.
Oh, I hope so.
Well, tonight's Christmas.
What?
Yeah, like tonight's Christmas, like tonight's the night you have to go deliver the presents.
But the reindeer are not even ready. And Rudolph's getting neutered and he's got balls big as shit.
Well, I guess you gotta deliver the presents without Rudolph.
I guess so. Watch out, New York City.
Okay.
Let me get the sleigh.
Good idea, Marvin. Let's get back home.
I didn't know Santa made 9/11 jokes.
What are you doing, Santa?
Loading the gifts on the sleigh to deliver tonight.
Santa, are you feeling okay? Christmas isn't for another 2 weeks.
But you told me Christmas was tonight.
I did not.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
Peppermint, don't lie to me, because I'll bend you over my knee and spank you.
I wish I lied to you, Santa, but I didn't.
Well, who did?
I don't know. Let me check the security cameras. Oh, it looks like some guy broke in and wrote his name in your book.
What? Brooklyn? And he added it to the nice list? I'm gonna teach him a lesson.
Oh, teach me a lesson, Santa. Bend me over and spank me like a naughty schoolboy.
Peppermint, you're a naughty fucker, but I love you.
Oh my god, Marvin, I can't believe that actually worked!
It did?
Yeah, I put my name in the nice list, so now Santa's gonna come deliver presents tonight. Hey, do you guys have any pajamas? I'm just so excited. I want to go to sleep right now so Santa comes.
Why do you need pajamas?
Well, I don't want to sleep in my cop uniform. I gotta sleep in something loose, because I get raging morning wood and it hurts.
Oh, I don't think I have pajamas that are your size.
What size is that? Fat?
No, I wasn't calling you fat. I just don't know if we're the same size.
What were you calling me then?
I wasn't calling you anything.
Yeah, okay. Well, you can make it up to me by spooning me.
I'm not gonna spoon you.
Well, I was gonna be the big spoon.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
What?
Good night.
Good night. Get over here. Think you can go to bed all caked up like I ain't got a sweet tooth? Like I ain't trying to get a cavity? What you thought this was, man?
What?
Nothing, just kidding.
What are you doing?
What, you hear that? I think that's Santa Claus.
It does sound like Santa Claus.
Let's go check. Oh, Marvin, look at that. It's Santa Claus. And look at all those presents. They're all for me.
Well, actually, he thinks it's Christmas, so those presents are for everyone.
Oh, yeah. Well, most of them have got to be for me because I'm on the nice list. But you're not, so you're not getting any presents.
I forgot I'm on the naughty list.
Man, he is really taking a sweet time with those presents, huh? Well, he's got a fat dumpy, though. Oh, no, he's just scratching his ass. Hurry up! So he's gone. Okay, present time! Oh, look at all these presents. Oh, this big one has to be for me.
No, it's not for you.
And what about these down here?
No, none of these are for you either.
And where are my presents?
Look, this one says Brooklyn guy.
Mine, back off. Oh, I can't wait to see what it is. It could be anything. I had so many things on my list. It could be an Applebee's gift card. It could be a Denny's gift card. A Chili's gift card. Or maybe it's a weighted blanket so I feel trapped yet comfortable. Oh, and I gotta check. Oh, let me see. What? Coal?
Why'd he give you coal?
I don't know. How is this possible? I put my name on the nice list.
Look behind you.
Fuck you, Brooklyn!
Oh, well, now I guess I know what they mean when they say he knows if you've been bad or good. I guess he found out I put my name on the nice list. Well,
Gonna be okay.
I guess I'll go to jail sad now.
Well, I have a gift for you.
Yeah, what is it? Wait, what's that? What? A get out of jail free card? Marvin, this is the best Christmas gift of all. Not going to prison.
Oh, I'm so sick.
Marvin, I got you chicken noodle soup, your favorite.
G is for gay.
What?
I'm reading my gay BC so I can be woke. And G is for gay.
Marvin, come eat your soup.
What, you're eating it with a fork?
They didn't give me a spoon.
Well, go back and get a spoon.
I'm not going to get a spoon. Just eat it quickly. Look.
L is for lesbian.
Jeffy, read it quietly.
And K is for Kiki. I guess they like cats.
Marvin, come get your soup.
Okay, I guess I'll try to eat it.
R is for rug muncher.
It's too hot. You can blow on it.
Okay.
And T is for trains. They just spelled it wrong. They spelled it Trans.
Jeffy, I said read quietly.
Come on, Marvin. It'll make you feel better.
Well, can you start with the crackers, please? My stomach hurts.
Oh, fine.
Daddy, for X, they only put the letter X. They didn't put X-ray because if they took an X-ray, it would show what gender they are, and they're not ready for that conversation yet.
Marvin, I can't open up the crackers!
Okay, listen, put the crackers down. I'll just eat the chicken noodle soup.
Oh, chicken noodle soup, dick! Filled with chicken and noodles and shit.
Okay, everyone's yelling. I have a headache. I'm gonna call a doctor. I can't deal with this.
Mommy, there is a kid that has the gay BCs on their bookshelf, and their parent says, "Hey, go read your gay BCs," and the kid says, "Yes, they, them."
Hey there, somebody call a doctor?
Yes, doctor, I'm so sick.
Ooh, ew. Let's just shove that in there. That's better. Ooh, chicken noodle soup. Have you eaten any of that yet?
Here, you want some?
Yes. Wait, why are you eating it with a fork, dumbass?
Because we don't have a spoon.
Dumbass.
Well, someone said you look like an owl.
Who? No, who? Fucking who, bitch?
You're an angry owl.
What are you talking about? Oh, fuck you guys. Oh, I get it. You told me I look like an owl just so I'd ask who, thus confirming that I'm an owl. But I'm not an owl, okay? I'm a doctor. I don't have big eyes. I don't have wings. I can't rotate my head 180 degrees.
But someone said you look like an owl.
Who? Oh, fuck off.
What do you guys think O stands for in the gay BCs?
Oh.
It stands for, oh my god, I love penis.
Okay, well, I'm not an owl, all right? All right, you guys thought it would be so funny just to call a doctor over here just to say I'm an owl. Well, I'm not an owl, so fuck you guys. I'm not helping you.
Oh.
B is for butt stuff. And P is for prolapsed anus from the butt stuff.
Baby, take the book away from him.
But how am I gonna be woke? No one's gonna know that I identify as a lawn chair yet.
Take the book away from him.
Oh, Boiny, you're home early from work.
Yeah.
Why do you have your mad eyes on, Boiny?
Oh, because somebody at the hospital said you look like an owl.
Why would they say that, Boiny? That's not very nice.
No, Karen, what I'm saying is somebody said you look like an owl.
Why would they say that? I don't understand. Have they even seen me? Do they even know what I look like, Boiny? I don't look like an owl.
No, Karen, follow me on this, okay? I know a person. I know their name, okay? And I would tell you if you asked. But they said that you look like an owl.
But, Boiny, what's their name? You tell me, because you know what? I'll search them up on Facebook, and maybe they look like an owl, and they're saying I look like an owl because they're projecting, Boiny. I'll poke them on Facebook, Boiny. I will.
You're supposed to say who. I say, somebody said you look like an owl, and then you say who, and I say, haha, you're an owl.
Boiny! That would have been funny if I said who, because you said I look like an owl, and then I would say who like I am an owl, and it would be like I was an owl, Boiny.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. What a hoot.
Uh-huh, yeah, that is the joke, but you didn't say it.
Boiny, we should go to Hooters. We can get wings and look at boobies.
Well, I think they went out of business.
Who?
Oh. Okay, fuck this. I'm going to my cop job. Hey, sir, I'm clocking in.
What, Officer Guy? You're not supposed to work today.
Yeah, I know, but I wanted to. I need the extra hours.
Okay, well, I guess I can put you on traffic duty today.
All right, thanks. Hey, by the way, someone in the office said you look like an owl.
Who?
You're an owl.
What? Oh, that's the goddamn funniest thing I ever heard. You said somebody said I look like an owl, and I said who? And that's the noise owls make. So fucking funny. And you thought of that all on your own?
Yeah, I sure did. That is a Brooklyn guy original.
You know what? I'm giving you a raise.
What, really?
Yeah, we need more funny cops around here. People around here are just too damn serious.
Oh, thanks.
Hey, Chief.
Oh, hey, Officer Simmons. Somebody said you look like an owl.
Well, why would they say that? That's hurtful.
No, Simmons, you're supposed to say who, damn it! You're demoted! You're on parking tickets from now on!
Oh.
Huh, I can't believe I got a promotion for making that stupid joke. Maybe I am a comedian. Whoa, that guy's driving like an owl. I better pull him over. Excuse me, sir.
Oh, hi, officer. I'm Charlie.
Where is that laughing coming from?
It's the audience.
Oh, okay. Well, I noticed you were swerving quite a bit. Have you had anything to drink?
Plenty.
Oh, well, how much?
A whole bag.
Oh, Capri Sun. I guess that's fine. But you were speeding, too.
Oh, what? I didn't have on my blinkers?
Oh, that's pretty good because you're blinking.
Yeah. Well, and I have been getting roadhead. I'm sorry, officer. I am a freak.
Oh, that looks like a severed head.
The body's in the trunk.
Okay, well, I don't really understand that part of the joke, but hey, somebody at dispatch said you look like an owl.
Who?
You're an owl.
You're funny. Did you write that?
Oh, yeah, that's me. That's all me.
Oh, man, you could be a comedian. We need writers here. Well, do you want to be a writer for me?
What, me? A writer for Charlie? I'd love to.
We need original content.
Oh, I'm full of original content. Everything I say is original.
It sounds like it. Look, come meet us tonight. We need new content for an episode.
Oh, okay.
Oh, thank God he didn't check the trunk. I have a whole body in there. I'm a murderer.
Oh, Barney, you're dressed all fancy. What, you got a hot date tonight?
Yeah, with a girl owl who said you also look like an owl.
Oh, Barney, you want me to say who again, don't you?
Yes, I do.
Who?
Very good, Karen. You got it.
Yay, Barney.
Well, no, actually, the reason I'm dressed up is, you know that guy Charlie from Charlie and Friends?
Yeah.
Well, he thought my owl joke was so funny, he wants me to write for his show.
Really, Barney? That's so exciting. What other jokes do you know?
Oh, so many. I'm just full of jokes.
Tell me one.
Well, no, I'm not going to tell them to you because you might steal them. And people who steal joke, that's fucked up. You shouldn't steal jokes. That's wrong.
Oh, Barney, I have a joke that you could tell everyone tonight. You want to hear it?
Okay.
What do you do if you get swallowed by an elephant?
What?
You run around till you're pooped out.
I don't get it.
Like you run around till you're pooped out tired, or you run around until he poops you out?
What does that have to do with an elephant?
Nothing, Barney.
Okay, it could have been any large animal. That joke is stupid. I'm not saying that.
Well, fine, Barney, then don't.
Okay, I won't, because I have plenty of other jokes. And you know what? Somebody told me that you make bad jokes and you look like an owl.
Well, that's really hurtful, Barney. I don't appreciate being talked about that way. That's not nice.
Damn it, Karen, you still don't get it.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to the joke writing room for the new episode of Charlie and Friends that's going to be airing tonight. And who the fuck are you?
Oh, I'm new. Charlie said he liked my joke.
Oh, yeah? Let me hear it.
Oh, well, somebody here said you look like an owl.
Who the fuck said I look like an owl? Was it you, Steven?
No, sir.
Was it you, Susan?
No.
Who the fuck said I look like an owl?
Well, you said who, so you're an owl.
That is the funniest goddamn shit I've ever heard. What's your name?
Brooklyn?
Well, we're gonna get you a name tag that says funny motherfucker, because that's your new name now. You can stay. Alright, Steven, give me a joke.
Okay, your mom is so poor.
No, she's not.
Okay, his mom is so poor. I saw her wearing one shoe. So I said, what happened to your other shoe? Did you lose it? And she said, no, I found this one.
You're fired. Susan, give me a joke.
Knock, knock.
Who's there?
Cargo.
Cargo who?
Well, actually, owls go who, not cars.
That's funny as shit! This is a funny motherfucker! You two need to learn to be more like him!
Can I finish my joke?
I don't even remember the beginning part of it, so it's fucking stupid.
Cargo beep beep.
Yeah, it's fucking stupid. Alright, funny man, give me another one.
Oh, okay, well, somebody said you look like an owl.
I've already heard that one. Give me another one.
Oh, a different one?
Yes.
I got those. Somebody said you look like a parakeet.
Who?
Well, I said a parakeet, not an owl.
It's even funnier the third fucking time, Steven! Right? Alright, Steven, give me another joke.
I thought I was fired.
Okay, fine, stay fired.
No, please, I have another joke. I have another joke.
Okay, and they better be funny, because if it's not, thumbtacks are gonna go in your ass. 5 of them.
Yes, sir.
Alright, go.
His mom is so fat she took a bite of her phone because it was made by Apple.
Go. Go to my office, get 5 thumbtacks and start shoving them up your ass. And I'm gonna know if it's 5 or not because I'm gonna have you shit them out into my hand. Everyone get a good look at Steven's ass. That's the last time you're gonna see it without thumbtacks in it. All right, Susan, another joke, please.
Okay, why couldn't the skeleton watch the scary movie?
Why couldn't the skeleton watch the scary movie?
He didn't have the guts.
Almost as funny as your joke. Go ahead and tell me another one.
Oh, another one. Okay, well, what do owls say when they get hurt?
Ouch?
No, they say owl.
That's fucking stupid. Alright, that's enough poultry jokes, okay? Give me another one that has nothing to do with owls.
Oh, a different one. Okay, well, can I use the bathroom real quick?
Sure, but when you come back, you better tell me a joke so funny I laugh the shit out of my ass!
Okay, yes, sir.
Alright, Susan, give me another joke.
Why did the wheel on the car stop spinning?
Why?
Because it was tired.
Alright, you can write that one down. We'll keep that one.
Please answer.
Hello?
Marvin, put your wife on the phone.
What? Why?
Just do it!
Baby, it's the doctor. He wants to talk to you.
Hello?
Hey, you remember that owl joke you told me?
Yeah!
Yeah, it was really good, and I need another joke that's not about owls.
Oh, what's green and has wheels?
What?
Grass. I lied about the wheels.
No, I don't think he's gonna like that. I think he's gonna put thumbtacks in my ass.
What?
Give me another joke.
Oh, knock knock.
Who's there?
Interrupting cow.
Oh, I've already heard this.
Moo!
I didn't even say who.
Okay, I got one. What's brown and sticky?
I don't know shit.
No, a stick.
I could maybe use that one. Give me another one.
Why did Susie fall off the swing?
Why?
Because she doesn't have arms. Knock knock.
Who's there?
Not Susie.
Oh, I see, because she didn't have arms.
Moo! It's the cow!
God damn it. Okay, I think I can maybe use those. Thanks. Oh, I'm so fucked. Ow.
Steven, you're walking like there's only 4 in there. There better be 5, because I'm gonna check.
There's 5.
Alright, good.
Hey, I'm back.
Hey, everyone, look, Funny Fuckhead's back! Come on, tell me a funny joke, funny fucker. I'm hungry. I want yummy the funny time. Oh.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Not Susie.
What?
Because she doesn't have any arms?
How the fuck was she knocking? Was she hitting her head on the door?
Moo.
What?
That's a cow.
What the fuck are you talking about?
Hold on. Can I please start over? I messed up.
Please do.
Okay, what's brown and sticky?
What?
Grass. I lied about the brown and sticky.
Are you okay? Did you do shrooms in the fucking bathroom?
No, I got it, okay. What happens when you get eaten by an elephant?
What?
He poops you out, I think.
What the fuck is wrong with you? What happened to you being a funny fuckhead? Come on, be funny!
Okay.
Yeah, be funny! Be funny!
Funny!
Come on!
Tell jokes!
Be funny!
Are you so
You're not funny!
Okay. I stole the owl joke, okay?
You stole the owl joke?
Yes, I stole it.
You're fucking fired! Steven, let me see those thumbtacks. Go ahead and shit them out in my hand. There's an asshole that's more deserving of it, just when I didn't think it was possible. Hold on, let me get them. Oh, you put him the sharp side in first? Oh, it's crazy, Steven. Good work. All right, I only have 4. I only have 4, Steven, god damn it!
Ow.
Boiny, what's wrong?
I got thumbtacks shoved up my ass for lying.
What'd you lie about?
Well, you know that owl joke I told you earlier? I stole it.
Boiny, you stole a joke? That's horrible.
Well, your stupid elephant joke didn't really work either.
Well, how did you say it, Boiny?
Well, you know, I said what happens when you get eaten by an elephant. You get pooped out.
Boiny, you said it wrong. It's you run around until you pooped out.
Yeah, well, I don't think that extra little sentence would have stopped the thumbtacks.
I don't know, Boiny. I mailed the joke in. We should see if they use it.
They're not gonna use it.
Charlie and Friends was filmed in front of a live audience.
Oh, hi guys. I'm Charlie. And today, I'm gonna be saying jokes sent in by fans. So what do you do if you were eaten by an elephant? You run around until you get pooped out. That is funny. That is freaking funny. Oh man, whoever said that, oh, that's hilarious. Pooped out.
Boiny.
I'm gonna go tell that joke to my boss so I get another raise.
Hey, sir. Hey there, funny man.
Hey, I got another joke for you. What happens when you get eaten by an elephant?
Yeah, I just saw that joke on Charlie and Friends. You're under arrest for theft, and you're losing your raise.
Man, you get arrested and I have thumbtacks in my ass?
Summer vacation!
I know, dude. I can't wait to play video games all summer and go to the beach.
Yeah, it's gonna be so much fun. Best summer ever.
Guys, today's our last day of kindergarten, and we have to pass, because if we fail, we have to do kindergarten again next year. For God's sake, we're 15. This shouldn't be hard.
Cody, we're gonna pass today's test.
Yeah, dude. We got it in the bag.
We failed the coloring exam.
I know, but we're gonna pass today's test. It's not gonna be hard, Cody. Come on, just keep your head in the game. Let's go.
Yeah.
Settle down, class. Class, be quiet. I'm trying to get rid of you guys. Be quiet.
Did you hear her say be quiet?
Oh, Principal Steinbeck, you're here.
Yes, I am. I came to check on these imbeciles.
Well, we were just about to start our day.
Let me talk to them. Hey, you freaks! You booger-picking bastards! You baloney lickers! Today is your last day of kindergarten. For some of you, for the rest of you, you might have to stay in this hellhole with her all summer long for summer school.
Please, no, I want my summers off too.
Oh no, you get paid $30,000 a year. That's plenty.
Garbage truck drivers make $60,000 per year. You make less than a garbage truck driver.
Shut up, Mikey.
Anyway, today is your final exam, and I'm gonna sit my butt right in this chair and watch every single one of you and make sure no one cheats. Because we won't want anyone to just pass these kids so they don't have to teach summer school, right?
Me? I would never.
Okie dokie. Because, I run a tight ship here. They call me Captain Steinbeck. Arg, where's the booty? I found it. All right, Miss Fitzpatrick, do your thing, go.
All right, class, everyone try your hardest not to fail.
I failed kindergarten 3 times.
I know, Mikey, but this year's gonna be different. You're gonna pass this year. All right, class, I'm gonna call you up one by one and ask you a question. If you answer that question correctly, you pass.
Wait, one question?
Oh, they're really hard questions. Cody, why don't you come up here first?
Go up there, Cody.
Oh, I better pass this.
You're gonna fail.
Come on, Cody, you got this.
Thanks, Freddy. All right, let's do this thing.
All right, Cody, I'm thinking of a word that starts with the letter F and has a TH in the middle of the word. TH makes the th sound. The.
I know what TH sounds like, but that word could be anything.
No, Cody, that word can't be anything because anything starts with the letter A.
Does he not know the difference between an A and an F?
Oh, he does!
No, I do. I just meant it could be a lot of words.
How about this? If you get it wrong, you're gonna get an F and fail.
Okay, well, it starts with an F, has a TH. Is it father?
Yes, correct! You pass!
What, really? Cool.
I guess that was pretty hard. Let me see the card.
Oopsie! I dropped it!
Clumsy ass, I'll get it.
Oh, I think I need a spanking.
Okay. The guy.
All right, Cody, well, you passed. Junior, why don't you come up next?
Woohoo! Yeah, I'm done with kindergarten.
Lucky guess.
Good job, Cody.
All right, it's my turn.
All right, Junior, your word starts with the letter X.
Is it X-ray?
Correct! You got it right! You passed!
Yay!
No, that was too easy. It's only like one word that starts with an X. I'll choose the card. Oh, this one.
Oh, there's no way he's gonna get that word right.
Well, then he fails.
Okay, Junior, well, your word starts with the letter O. O makes the O sound, and your word has 2 O's in it.
Is it boobies?
No, Junior, your word starts with the letter O.
Is it ooh boobies?
No, Junior, O, not ooh, O.
Oh, look at those boobies.
Junior!
I like this kid. But no, you only got one more try, and then you fail.
Okay, Junior, this thing makes a sound.
Is it an owl? Owls go hoot hoot.
No!
Hoot!
No, Junior, no!
He fails.
Wait, no, one more guess, one more try!
Can I see the word? Oh, there's no way he's getting that.
I know. Okay, Junior, try again, and it looks like something's on your elbow.
Is the word my elbow?
No, Junior, it's oboe! Oboe!
What's an oboe?
It's an instrument!
Oh, he fails. Go to your seat.
Well, I failed kindergarten?
Yeah, you failed kindergarten.
Oh, wow!
Oh, no!
Looks like you're gonna be teaching summer school. I want Mikey to go next. And I want this to be his word.
Oh, well, hold on. I think I'm a little thirsty. Do you want some? Oh! I'm so sorry! Oh, no!
You whore! You freaking slut! Oh, you got it all over my elkskin jacket! Frick! Oh, now I gotta go outside and let it dry! Oh, you better not let anybody cheat, or you're gonna lose your freaking job. Frick! Frick! Frickin' frick! Frick, guy!
All right, class, he's gone. I am not teaching summer school with you ugly bastards. So every single one of you is gonna pass kindergarten. Junior will figure it out later. Mikey, get your ass up here to take your final exam.
I can't believe I failed.
Let me show you how smart I really am, guys.
All right, Mikey, this word starts with the letter F. It's an animal that lives in the ocean.
Frog.
No, Mikey, no, it's a fish. But actually, when frogs start out as tadpoles, they live in the water, so they're kind of like fish, so correct, you pass!
I didn't say fish. I failed. I'm sorry, Miss Fitzpatrick. I guess I'll just see you in summer school.
No, Mikey, that's okay. We're good. We're just gonna try again. We're gonna do another animal that starts with the letter G, and it lives in Africa.
Oh, gorilla!
No, Mikey, it's a giraffe.
I failed again.
No, it's okay. You know what? We're just gonna try again. We're gonna do another one.
But there's only supposed to be one card.
It doesn't matter, Mikey. Okay, this animal's really easy because you already guessed it.
Gorilla.
No, Mikey. No. This is the first animal you guessed. It starts with the letter F.
Fish.
Fuck!
No, I'm not gonna say that word. That's a no one.
No, you know what, Mikey? You passed.
How?
Because you already guessed frog.
I did guess frog. You're right. I passed. Yay!
Yes, you did. Okay, Joseph, get up here. We're gonna do your exam.
Too fudging easy, guys.
She gave you like a million chances, Mikey.
Yeah, well, a pass is a pass.
All right, Joseph, your word starts with the letter P and it's pink.
Oh, easy. Penis.
What? No. It's P, it's pink, and you can eat it.
Oh, dub.
No, what? Joseph!
Joseph, it's Cody's mom.
Oh, I'm so stupid. It's pig. You should have said that from the beginning.
Oh, well, I don't know who that is, but yes, your word was pig. Correct, you passed.
Yes.
Okay, let's see who's next. Freddie, why don't you come up here?
All right, Freddie, go up there.
Oh, no, guys, I'm scared. Oh, great. He's gonna poop his pants again. Probably.
Don't worry, Freddie. We'll help you out if we can.
Okay.
All right, Freddie, your word starts with the TR and it's something you ride on.
A truck?
No. Oh, don't get sad. Try again.
A tractor?
No. Don't get sad. Try again. Keep trying.
A trolley?
No, Mikey. It goes choo-choo. What?
It's what my dad and his buddies ran on it last night.
Shut up, Mikey.
Oh, a train.
Correct. You pass. Well, you're correct about one of those things, but yes, you pass.
Yay.
Taylor, why don't you come up next?
Okay.
All right, Taylor, your word starts with BR and it's something you eat.
Broccoli?
No, it's something you can have at brunch.
Breakfast?
No, but you can have it with your breakfast.
Breast milk?
What? No, it's what's toast made out of?
Bread.
Very good, you pass. Ashley, why don't you come up next?
I passed. My turn.
All right, Ashley, your word starts with FL and it's something pretty. Floors? Did you just say floors? Yes, floors. It's something you walk on. Oh, no, this is something you smell. Floors? It sounds like you're saying flowers. Then you're correct. You pass. Okay, who's next? Daryl? Oh, Daryl, why don't you come up here? Where's that bear card? Oh, where's that damn bear card? Well, Ball? Maybe we can work with Ball. Daryl? Okay, your word starts with the letter B. It's round. It's something you play with. It's something you bounce at recess. It's blue. Was that Ball? Daryl, did I hear Ball? Everyone, I heard Daryl say Ball. I think he passed. You passed, Daryl. Go. Everyone, you passed.
I didn't pass, I failed.
No, Junior, you get to try again because the rest of the class passed, but yours must have been a fluke because you didn't. So come back up here and we can try again.
Yeah, okay, I'll try.
All right, Junior, your word starts with SH and it's a 4-letter word.
Shit.
Junior, this is something you wear.
Well, if you shit your pants, you're wearing shit.
Junior, stop saying that word.
It's dry.
Oh, Principal Steinbeck, you're back.
Yes, my soup finally dried. How's the exam going?
Well, everyone passed their final exam.
What? Wait, what? How? It's only been 5 minutes.
Well, everyone in the class is just really, really smart. Right, class? Everyone passed their final exam?
Yeah.
No way. These kids are stupid. There's no way they passed that exam. And what is he doing up here?
Oh.
I know he failed.
Well, you see, everyone else in the class passed their final exam, so I thought Junior here deserved another chance.
That's pretty forgiving of you. I guess so, but I get to choose the word.
Oh, but he was so close to guessing this one.
Shoe?
Oh, it was shoe?
No way. That's too easy. And I already said the word, stupid. I'll choose the word. Ooh. How about this one?
Okay, Junior. Your word starts with the letter E and it has a PH in it.
Guess it.
A PH?
Yeah, it's my mom.
Fat! PH fat! Old fat bitch!
No, Junior, remember it starts with the letter E.
Wait a minute! Cody! Your mom's an elephant! She's a big fat elephant!
Yes, she is! Junior Brasses!
Rats! How did he get that? I thought he was stupid.
Everyone in the class passed!
Wait, everyone? Even my son, Daryl.
Yes, even Daryl.
Let me go and ask him then. Hey, Daryl! What's up, baby boy? You know Daddy loves you, but I need to know the truth. Did everybody really pass their exam? You know, fair and square, no cheating, no helping?
Nah, Daddy, they some cheating motherfuckers.
Wait, Daryl can talk?
You lied to me! Of course he can talk! I planted him in this class to tell me everything. Everyone fail! Summer school for everyone! Summer school!
Oh, guys, we have to go to summer school!
Yay! I don't have to get beat by my dad all summer.
I wish I could beat by my dad. I'd rather do that than go to school.
Chicken and waffles for breakfast? Oh, this is gonna be absolutely delicious. Chef BB! What do you want, Braxton? I'm trying to make chicken and waffles. Wait. Why you so damn clean? Oh, you like the new look, huh? Yeah, I got a fresh ass Goodfellas t-shirt on, clean as hell, fresher than a bitch. You like it? Hell no! I like it when you're dirty and filthy. That's how I know you're actually getting the job done and you're working hard. Well, wait, where's my orange juice? You know I like freshly squeezed orange juice on Sundays. Well, we don't have any oranges. We got onions over here. I can make you some onion juice. No, I don't want no damn onion juice. Does it look like it's Thursday? I am not detoxing today. Make me some damn oranges. Go get some from the fucking store or something. God. Okay, Braxton. Jeez. You can ask, please.
Chugga. Aw, Percy, why the long face? Well, I caught my wife getting a train ran on her. Look. Aw, that sucks, Percy. Yeah, they're all up in her caboose.
Junior, I gotta run to Target to get some oranges for your whiny ass daddy. Do you need anything?
Oh, if I go with you, will you take me to Chick-fil-A?
What the Chick-fil-A? What the hell? Oh, Chick-fil-A? Hell yeah, I'll take you to get some chicken sandwiches and shit. I know you starving.
Wait,
yeah.
you'd really take me to Chick-fil-A?
Yeah, for my number one buddy? Definitely, I'll do that.
Yeah, let's go!
Yeah, we can make a quick pig style.
Yes!
Chick-fil-A!
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 Chick-fil-A! Chick-fil-A! Chick-fil-A!
Oh, you excited as hell, homeboy?
Oh, yeah, I'm so hungry. Oh, should I get chicken nuggets or should I get a chicken sandwich?
Get both of them. What the hell wrong with you?
What, I get both?
Yeah, today your day. Get whatever on the menu.
Oh my God, okay. I want a chicken sandwich and chicken nuggets. Oh, and can I get a chocolate milkshake?
Shit, get it all. Get a vanilla, chocolate, strawberry, whatever on that motherfucker.
Oh, there's no line.
Oh, yeah, no line. You getting the presidential treatment, my boy. That's what I'm talking about.
Oh, remember, the chicken sandwich and chicken nuggets and a milkshake.
Okay, I remember all of it. Can I get a chicken sandwich, chicken nuggets, a milkshake? Fuck it, let's get a brownie as well. Wait, what's that? It's Sunday, you fucking dog! It's closed, you silly ass, goofy ass, hungry ass, starving ass boy. Hold on. Let me in that stomach. Oh, that bitch sound like a Loch Ness monster, and that bitch is so damn hungry. You look so pitiful. Hold on, let me see if they actually open up. Hey, can y'all open up, please? I know it's Sunday. Ask Jesus if he can let a nigga get a pass or something. Goddamn, cause this boy starving. This boy, he like one of them little African children, but he white. Oh my God, someone please open up. He's so fucking hungry.
You can stop now, Chevy.
Wait, you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah, let's just go to Target.
Hungry ass nigga. All right, Junior. I gotta run into Target to get these damn oranges for your dad. So try not to eat the steering wheel and the damn car seats while I'm gone. Know you're hungry as hell, boy. Oh, shit. Junior, do you think Target's actually open on Sunday? Of course it is, nigga, because I checked the calendar, you dumbass. Silly ass. Goofy ass. Bok chicken hungry ass. Nugget wanting ass, boy. Oh, you ain't getting shit today, nigga.
Just go inside Target!
What are those goddamn oranges? Oh, there they go, right there. Oh, sorry, man. Oh my God, God damn! My diggity down. Were you reaching for these oranges, ma'am? I'm sorry.
Well, I was, but now I think I want a banana.
I got the perfectly bruised banana for you. I just need you to peel it back with your teeth, baby.
What teeth?
Oh God damn! You got somewhere to be right now?
I just gotta be back by the old folks' home at around 5.
Oh, it's 2:30 right now. There's plenty of time between now and then. What you trying to do? Oh, Junior,
No,
listen.
Chef PB, just take me home. No more jokes.
No, it's not a joke. Just listen. Check this shit out. Oh, I met the woman of my dreams in Target. That bitch so damn bad.
Well, I mean, Target bitches are fine.
Yeah, they are. Especially when they a cougar bitch on a prowl and you out here reaching for oranges out of nowhere. They rah, 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 rah. And I'm like, oh, I'm a victim, but I'm vulnerable and I'm willing to go, baby. Let's get it. Oh,
she's that hot?
Oh, yeah, she was bad. Straight gilf. Oh, woman of my dreams with big ass titties. Yeah, titties. Oh, but look, she took me behind the paper towel aisle and we made a little mess. We had to clean up on aisle 3, if you know what I'm talking about. Wait, you a G. You can't hear that type of shit. Let me hold on.
What she look like? Show me what she looks like.
Oh, no. She out your lead, boy. Chill out. You know, stick to them elementary hoes. She out your lead, boy. She a gilf. Super bad hoe. But look, hold these down oranges. I gotta get back to the house. I'm getting too damn aroused.
I'm in love.
It's cougar love. Ooh, gotta grab them and do like I do with them. It's just squeeze, get the juices out of that motherfucker. Wait, what the hell was that? Oh, is that my phone? Hold on. Wait, St. John's retirement home? Who the hell could this be? Hello?
Hello, is this that fine young man from the grocery store?
You better chill out, baby. There might be that cute ass cougar that was on the hunt earlier. Yeah, I'm surprised you remember my number with all that damn Alzheimer's with your cute ass.
My memory ain't as good as it used to be, but I can't forget the size of that banana.
Chill out, baby. Chill. I'm gonna come over there and put that banana pudding on that ass.
Well, why don't you come down to this retirement home and do it then? It's mac and cheese night.
Oh my God. Oh, chill out, baby. Oh, I'm getting a little too excited. Gotta make sure nobody over here. Mac and cheese night, you say. Ooh, I'm gonna have to come and stir the pot. Ooh, and grab them after I get done squeezing these oranges. My hand's gonna be nice and firm.
Oh, you squeezing oranges. What you thinking about when you squeezing them oranges?
You know what I'm thinking about, the wrinkly ass titties. I'm trying to squeeze the milk out them bitches, you know what I'm saying? What you wearing, baby?
Oh, I'm wearing adult diapers.
Oh, adult diapers? Ooh, I know you wet below. Oh, I'm gonna have to pull them bitches off with my teeth.
Well, I did just piss myself.
That's all I need to hear, baby. Just hold on, I'm gonna be over there in just a second. Oh! Junior, I need your help. Please. Look out for a nigga. Please, help me.
Why would I help you, Chef PB?
What do you mean, why would you help me? We're best friends. Nigga, I cook for you. What do you mean? Look out for a nigga. Come on, bro. Look. Remember that one time I took you to Chick-fil-A to get a chicken sandwich? I was looking out then, but the motherfucker was closed, though. I forgot about that. God damn it. Oh, silly, goofy. All right, let me calm down. But look, please help me. Help me out. Go downstairs, squeeze those oranges, and give your dad a cup of orange juice. He needs it because it's Sunday and shit. I got a date with a fine-ass cougar bitch. She got a dick appointment, so you know I gotta fill the prescription. Doctor calls.
Well, what do I get out of it?
You trying to hit my bitch? Hell no, that's a weird question for you to ask. You can't get none of that. That's all mine. I'm in love, dude. God. But, you know, I can ask her if she got a friend or something, you know, put you down. Make sure you get a little play later, you know. You know what I'm talking about? But not with my old lady. I'm in love, boy.
No, you know what, fine, I'll just do it, go.
You will? That's what I'm talking about. I love you, man. You know what? On my way back, I will make sure I'll pull up the Chick-fil-A and see if they still open. Fuck!
boy. Happen every time. It never fails. But these hoes, boy, it go crazy, but I'm getting on my nerve, boy.
You okay, Jeffy?
Look, check this out. I need real nigga advice. Boy, real nigga, you feel me? Look, keep it a bean with me. Keep it 100. If I'm going crazy, just let me know, Junior. But I pulled up to the old folk home to pick up my old lady, right?
Old folks home.
Yeah, the old... Man, stop cutting me off. I'm trying to tell the damn story. Look, I pull up to the old folk home, and I'm like, oh, hey, the lady at the desk, I'm like, hey, baby, what's up? How you doing? My old lady down here, where she at? You know, fine shit. Where she at? Oh, she in room 705? Okay, bet. So I go up to the elevator. Boop, 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 boop. Whoop. So go up there to 705. I'm walking up to the room. Guess what the hell happened? The old ass geezer walk out, bruh, fixing his damn pants, smiling with the biggest damn smirk on his mouth, just cheesing. I'm like, okay, this what we doing? Okay, bet. I walk in the room, right? She over there laid up, just cheesing herself. Relaxed, look like she just got done smoking a damn cigarette. I'm like, okay, bet. Who the hell with the old ass geezer walking out? Oh, that's just my ex-husband. Your ex-husband? What the fuck the ex doing in the present? What he doing here? The fuck? He's supposed to be ex-tied. What? I bet. To my, oh no, he just came to catch up on old times and memories and stuff. Catch up? The fuck he catch up? You a hot dog now? Y'all catching up on old memories? Fuck them memories. Let them burn in hell, nigga. What the fuck? Bruh, boy, and then she over here just laughing and giggling. Bitch, what you laughing for? I'm the only nigga that's supposed to make you laugh. What? Ooh, boy, I could have slapped that. Why? But I had to keep composure. Then I looked to the left. What the hell was that? Guess what I see? A damn hat. It's a hat on the damn table. Who hat is this, bitch? Oh, that my ex-husband hat. He must have left it. He leaving half now? He coming back for later? He seconds? That's what he want? Oh, hell no. Boy, where you at? Boy, I put a foot up in that nigga ass, boy. Where you at? Point him out. I swear, if he come back, somebody, no, you reading too much into it. Stop thinking like that. I would never. He ain't getting none of these goodies. He ain't hit. I'm like, baby, so he ain't hit. He ain't hit. No, I would never let him get none of this. All right. But you know what my first grade teacher told me? Go with your instincts. Use your intuition, nigga. You know what my intuition tell me? He piping that. He all in them damn guts every time when I'm not there. Oh, boy, I can't believe this shit. So, you know, I'm not thinking right, but I'm over here trying to keep composure. So I'm like, hey, nigga, give me your phone. Give me that damn phone. I start scrolling, boy. I scroll back like 20 years, you feel me? Oh, yeah, guess what I see? He piping that shit. Boy, he blowing her back out. I can't even fucking be mad, man. Cause she looked good as hell with it too, boy. She was just taking that shit, boy. I ain't know what to say, boy. I had to send it to my damn phone, you know what I'm saying? Cause keep it for later. It was that damn good.
Didn't you just meet her today?
But I love her. What do you mean I just meet her today? That's my soul. That's my soul tie. You feel me? We locked in forever. You think? What you think, Junior? You think she cheating?
Your phone's ringing.
What? Oh, God damn it. Look, I'm gonna come back. You just tell me what you think when I come back. Junior, that's her ass calling me from the old folks home. Oh boy, she's desperate as hell. It's like putty in my hands. Watch this shit. It's gonna be like a game. What you want, bitch? I'm busy right now. I'm busy with like 8 different hoes. She trying to give me some gog, especially this redhead one. She very freaky and frisky. Hey, act like a girl real quick.
Oh, Chef Pee-Pee, it's so hairy.
Ooh, hairy, you say? I love a good jungle. I feel like George in that motherfucker. Ooh.
Wow, this is awkward.
Wait, who the hell is this? Is this that old ass geezer? Yeah, I saw your little ass when you was walking out the room, and I saw you on that video. You think a nigga ain't pay attention. You got good stroke game, though. I'll give it to you. You good rhythm.
No, I'm a worker from the old folks home calling to let you know that Miss Harris has unfortunately passed away about 3 minutes ago, and you were the last person to call her, so I was just calling to let you know.
No! That's the love of my life. She passed away. What am I going to do now? I was giving her that good pipe. Who else am I going to pipe? What am I going to do? I'm never going to see her again.
Well, Chef Pee-Pee, didn't you send the video of her ex-husband piping her to your old phone?
You know what? You're right. Good looking out, Junior. I'm gonna watch this video and rehash some memories.
Okay, guys, are you ready to find the missing Malaysia plane in the lake in my backyard and become heroes?
Heck yeah, dude! Guys, I'm telling you, it's not in there.
Oh, it's not in there? You know that for a fact? You put on scuba diving gear and you searched the entire lake and looked for a plane? You did that?
No.
Then how do you know for a fact it's not in there?
Because the plane disappeared over the Indian Ocean. There's no way it flew all the way around the world and crashed in a lake in Florida. That's impossible.
Oh, that's impossible? That's impossible to fly around the world? I guess I'll have to call Wiley Post.
Who is Wiley Post?
The first guy to fly around the world. You know who Wiley Post is?
No.
You're saying what he did was impossible, but he did it.
Okay, great for Wiley Post, but that didn't happen here.
Oh, how do you know? How do you know that the Malaysia Airlines plane wasn't flown by the great-great-grandson of Wiley Post, and he wanted to see if he could do what his great-great-grandfather did, and he flew around and he crashed in the lake?
Okay, well, I know that a plane crash would have been really loud and somebody would have noticed it in your backyard.
Oh, somebody would have noticed it? What if it was a quiet water landing?
There's no such thing as a quiet water landing.
Ever heard of Sully Sullenberger? Huh? Ever heard of that? Ever heard of dual engine failure at 1,500 feet? Huh? I bet you think he could have landed at Teterboro.
I don't know, maybe.
Let's be serious. Can we be serious now? No one's ever had dual engine failure at 1,500 feet and landed. He had to land in the Hudson.
Are you just quoting the movie?
Yes, Cody. Listen, there's a possibility that the Malaysia Airlines plane is in that lake.
No, there's not, because we'd be able to see it.
What? Oh, really? Oh, really? Are you sure it's not super deep? Do you have a depth gauge?
You mean a gauge? A depth gauge?
Your gauge.
What? Okay, Junior, there's no plane in that lake.
Okay, put Ken in the water, okay? And he'll be able to look over the boat and tell us if he sees a plane.
Okay, but he's not going to find it.
All right, put him in the water, come on.
Okay, Ken, I need you to look for a Boeing 777. It's a giant plane. You wouldn't be able to miss it.
It's not as big as a Boeing 787 or an Airbus A350.
Any plane in the lake is notable, okay? Just let us know if you see one. Guys, should we get Ken a life jacket?
I don't think we have one that small.
Dude, he's a fucking dog.
Oh, you guys are right. He's an Olympic swimmer. He doesn't need a life jacket. Michael Phelps envies him. Okay, Ken, out you go. Damn, Ken, you're getting fat. Laying that boat down.
Fat ass.
Ken's fat ass is like an anchor. It won't. It's okay, Ken.
Oh, he wants to come back?
I think he does.
He's spinning the block, ain't it?
Ken, come on, don't pussy out now.
Is it broken?
I don't know. I think so.
Press the button.
I'm pressing it. It's not going.
Oh, God, he's stuck. Someone go in the lake and get him.
I don't want to go in there.
I can't swim.
Let's get Chef PP to get him.
Yeah.
Hold it in, PP. Do like Fergie said, cause real niggas don't cry.
Hey, Chef PP.
Oh, God damn it. Oh, you made me cut myself.
Yeah, you sound like an emo middle school girl. You made me cut myself. My dad doesn't love me.
Oh, you shouldn't run in the damn kitchen while people are cutting up onions. They're already at risk of cutting themselves.
Oh, why is Chef PP so emotional?
Maybe he's on his period.
I don't have periods, bitch ass nigga. I got a big wiener and a huge ass ball sack.
Ooh, go on.
Hey, Chef PP, can you come save Ken? He's in the middle of the lake on a boat.
What? How the hell did he get on a boat?
Let's just say he knows T-Pain.
Shut the hell up.
Oh, listen, Chef, he's in the middle of the lake. Can you please go get him, please? He's so far out and we can't swim out that far.
Only if you promise to leave me the hell alone while I'm cutting up onions.
Yeah, come on.
God damn it. All right, where is he, you brats?
He's right there.
Right there? 3 fucking feet? You came and got me for 3 feet?
Well, Chef, we don't want to touch the water. There might be snakes or tigers in there.
Tigers in the Shut the hell up, Junior. Oh my God, I can't believe you got me out here getting the damn. Oh, my hand's dirty.
No, Ken.
Oh, Ken's gonna drown. Oh, he's drowning.
Get him. Oh, he's gonna drown.
He can breathe.
Ken, are you okay?
Good.
He can hold his breath for a long time. Don't worry.
He's good. Dirty ass.
Oh, damn, Ken.
Are you happy?
Thanks, Chef PP. Well, real quick, do you think the missing Malaysia plane's in this lake?
That damn plane can't fit in this lake. Is that why you got me out here?
Well,
thank you. That's what I said.
That's what Ken was supposed to tell us if he was in there.
Oh, shut the hell up. God damn, you wasting my time.
Yeah, Ken. Oh, you're so dirty. Come on, guys. We gotta go wash him off.
Oh, it's so gross.
Okay, Ken. I'm gonna sit you on this Hungry Howie's box while I clean you up.
Wait, who's Howie and why is he so hungry?
I don't know. Apparently he was so hungry he had to start his own pizza restaurant.
Shouldn't he be satisfied, Howie, now?
Yeah, Howie. How much is enough? When are you gonna be done? There's starving kids out there you could be helping. You could be helpful, Howie.
Yeah, save the world and feed the kids, Howie.
Okay, let me get Ken cleaned up. Wait, guys, how do you fill up the sink?
Oh, you need the plug.
Let me call him up real quick.
Oh, you guys and your paraphernalia jokes. Oh, there's the plug. Okay, Ken, the bubs are done. Rub-a-dub-dub. Plastic ass in the tub. Oop. Oh, guys, I dropped him. I don't see him. I guess I'm just gonna have to get naked and go in there after him.
You don't have to get naked to get in the sink.
I think I have to get naked because I don't see him, and that's the only way I can look.
No, you don't have to get naked.
Nope, I'm gonna get naked.
You don't have to.
You're trying to enjoy this too much, dude.
Yeah, let's just get out of here.
All right, back to cutting my damn onions.
We all gonna die someday. The universe so big, we mean nothing.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
What, Junior?
What are you doing? What's for dinner?
Oh, for me, I'm eating hot dogs, so I gotta slice up all these damn onions for my double glizzy deluxe.
Wait, what's for us?
Well, y'all gonna eat cream of mushroom soup. It's so delicious. Slurp, slurp.
But slurp. You want us just to open it and drink out of it?
Yeah, it should be good. Just put it in the microwave. Heat it up or something.
Wait, Chef Pee-Pee, what's wrong with your hand?
What? Oh my God! God damn! I didn't know it was that green.
Wait, Chevy, what's wrong with it? Why is it green?
Maybe it's from the seaweed. You know, when I was saving Ken, I didn't wash my hands thoroughly. That's probably
No,
it.
that looks infected, Chef Pee-Pee.
It's not infected.
You need to call a doctor.
I'm not calling the damn doctor, Junior. They don't know what they're doing half the time. They just want to charge you for all the little CAT scans and lollipops they give you at the end. Majority of the money goes to the lollipops. They just don't tell you that.
You need to call a doctor, Chef Pee-Pee. It's infected.
It's not infected, Junior. Look. Do I look pussy? Huh? Do Chef Pee-Pee look pussy to you?
No.
Exactly. Do I look like I have ovaries?
No.
Exactly. Because hospital is for peoples with ovaries.
What? It's for people that are sick. We have to go ask Cody to try to convince him. He's not going to listen to us. Cody, are you down there? Cody, we need your help. Cody.
Hey, sorry about that, guys. Ken had me in a chokehold with his thighs. Wouldn't let me go unless I gave CPR to his bunghole.
Well, Chef Pee-Pee's hand is green and it's like infected and we need your help.
Oh, well, he should call a doctor.
I know, we told him that, but he's not listening to us. Maybe he'd listen to you because you're smart. So can you go tell him?
Oh, well, okay, but I'm gonna need about 30 more minutes under there because Ken has this dingleberry that's putting up a fight. Lucky for me, my teeth are the jaws of life.
Oh, okay.
Damn, it looks so good.
Chef Pee-Pee!
What, Junior?
Okay, Cody's busy, so he can't help us convince you, but you have to go to a doctor.
I'm not going to a damn doctor. It costs too much. And I'm not no damn pussy. It don't even hurt that much.
Chef Pee-Pee, pull up your sleeve. Your arm looks like it's getting green too.
It's not that green. What the hell are you talking about? It's just a little green.
It's spreading to your arm, Chef Pee-Pee. You gotta go to a doctor. Your whole arm's getting infected.
It's not that serious. It's just a little numb. I barely even feel it.
Well, you say you don't even feel it. You're supposed to be able to feel your arm. Chef Pee-Pee, answer this. Why do you not want to see a doctor so bad?
Because I don't have health insurance. Your dad doesn't pay me enough. Look, it'll cost $1,000 just to see the damn doctor, a couple thousand just to get the scans, and $1,000 for the fucking medicine. I don't have the money.
Okay, well, what if you just get the doctor to come here, he treats you, and you never pay it?
He's gonna hawk my ass down for that money. What the hell is wrong with you? I don't have the money to pay it. I'm never gonna pay it.
What if you just say you're Canadian, and then after he treats you, you say, well, I'm from Canada, we don't have to pay for health insurance, and then he goes, oh.
You might be on to something, Junior.
Okay, I'm gonna call the doctor. Hello?
Hey there, somebody call a doctor?
Yes, doctor, my friend's arm is like really infected and green.
Okay, well I gotta warn you, I'm only accepting cash and credit cards right now, and I gotta get paid up front, because I've had way too many people claiming to be Canadian to get out of paying me after I've treated them. So I'm just gonna ask right up front, is the patient Canadian? Has he ever been to Canada? Has he visited Canada?
No, but he listens to Drake.
Okay, well that doesn't make him Canadian, we all do that. But how are you gonna be paying, cash or card?
Wait, you want me to pay you like before you even see him?
Well, yeah.
Wait, I think that's not fair. I mean, at a restaurant, you don't pay before you get your food.
You do it at a drive-through. What if they don't give you your food, huh? What are you gonna do? What if they just say no?
Oh, okay, but like you know we're not gonna run away. We're American, and what if I give you just a few dollars to prove to you that we're not gonna run?
Okay, yeah, but it's got to be cash, and I want a handshake.
Okay, let me go see what I got in the piggy bank. Cody!
Oh, hey, Junior, what's up?
What, Cody, you're still down there?
Yeah, Ken's got a dirty gooch, Junior. Real dirty gooch.
Wait, no, Cody, do you have any money on you? I need some money.
I think I have a few bucks down there.
What, a few bucks down there?
Yeah, let me go get it. Here you go. It's kind of soggy.
But $3 that are wet?
Yeah, sorry. That's all I got.
Thanks.
Okay, Ken. What's that? Your scrotum's getting pruny. Okay, I'm coming back down.
Okay, this is all I got.
Oh boy, 3 soapy wet dollars. Thanks a lot. Go ahead and put it in.
Okay, well, you come see him now?
Yeah, sure.
All right, get in my mouth, Glizzy. 2 at 1? Oh, I ain't no quitter, man.
What is he doing?
Eating 2 glizzies
That's messed up.
Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
What?
The doctor's here, and tell him what I told you.
Yeah, I'm Canadian and I can't pay.
Wait, I'm sorry. Did he just say he was Canadian? He couldn't pay?
Oh, no. He said he's gonna play for the Canadian Football League, and he can't play.
Oh, because he's not Canadian.
Yeah, he hasn't transferred over yet.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
He's
fine.
gonna go pro. Yeah, Chef Pee-Pee, show him your arm.
Oh, yeah. This shit over here is a little green.
Wait, what happened?
So I was chopping up onions for my delicious ass double glizzy sandwich I was gonna eat before y'all interrupted me. Yeah, I was chopping up the onions and I actually accidentally cut my damn hand. And yeah, I went and helped them get a damn doll out of the water. And it touched the water, and I guess it touched a little seaweed and got a little grossed up and a little green.
Oh, shit. That looks like flesh-eating bacteria.
What now?
Yeah. When you get into some nasty water with an open cut, this flesh-eating bacteria can get in there and it can take over your whole arm. And if you don't get that treated, it could take over your whole body and get to your brain and you could die.
The fuck?
Wait, is there a cure?
Oh, yeah, I mean, we can cut the arm off.
Wait, no. We ain't cutting off my damn arm. I cook with this arm. I stir with this arm. I whack it with this damn arm.
Ooh, not the whacking arm.
Wait, does he have to cut his arm off?
I mean, that's the only way he'll survive.
Well, come on, Chef, it's just an arm.
I'm not going to cut off my damn arm. I need this.
No, you don't. Your cooking sucked anyway. One arm won't do a difference.
I'm not going to survive with just one arm, G. What the hell are you talking about?
I mean, if you cut it off, you're gonna die.
Oh, well, what if he turns into the Incredible Hulk if he doesn't cut it off?
Oh, well, there was this 10-year-old boy who also thought that. He turned into the Incredible Dead. He turned into the Incredible his family couldn't afford a funeral. He turned into they cremated him. He turned into they couldn't afford an urn, so they had to put him in a Tupperware container, and then the cops saw it and they thought it was blow. And then a dog sniffed through it, and then they realized it was just their son. Is that what you want? You want to be in a dog's nose, and then eventually get shit out, and then they pick up that shit and send it to the dump? Is that what you want? You want to be a piece of dog shit in the dump? Is that how you want to go out?
No, but I don't want to get my arm cut off. I ain't no damn pussy.
Okay, have fun, dog shit dump man.
Oh, Chef Pee-Pee, don't be a dog shit in a dump.
I'm not a dog shit in the fucking dump. What are you talking about?
Cut your arm off.
I'm not cutting my arm off.
The knife's right there.
It's going to be back to normal by tomorrow. I'm not cutting my damn arm off. That'd be even more painful. Yeah.
Come on, Joseph. He wants to be dog shit in a dump. All right, Cody, come out. Cody, come out.
What do you guys want?
What are you doing in there, Cody?
I'm making prune juice in here.
Prune juice?
Yeah.
The fuck?
Wait, let's go play video games upstairs.
Yeah.
Die, hooker! Give me my money back! I love Grand Theft Auto so much. When Grand Theft Auto 6 comes out, the ass is gonna go crazy.
Hey guys, I'm done in the sink.
What took you so long, Cody?
Well, at home, my parents give me a 2-minute timer for baths with Ken, which is not nearly enough time for a full gooch buffet. So I was getting kind of greedy in your sink.
Well, I see why your parents give you a timer.
So what happened to Chef Pee-Pee?
Well, he had to cut his arm off or he would die. But he refused to get his arm cut off. So now he's green.
His brain's sticking out.
Yeah, he has flesh-eating bacteria.
Not the kind of brain I wanted from you, Chef Pee-Pee. Let's back up a little bit.
He has flesh-eating bacteria.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, you want me to call the doctor now?
I think that was a yes.
I don't know. Hold on. Chef Pee-Pee, do this. Go for yes. And go for no. Alright, let me call the doctor. Get away from my skinny.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor. I am talking, sir. Please keep it down. Somebody call a doctor? I only take cash and cards and I don't treat Canadians. Oh, hey, it's you guys again. And look, there he is. It's Dog Shit Dump Man. Who's a little Dog Shit Dump Man? Who's gonna be in shit in the dump? You are? Yes, you are.
Well, doctor, is it too late for him?
Yeah, look at him. Of course it's too late. If he just let me cut his arm off, he'd be fine.
Well, his brain's like sticking out of his head.
Oh, yeah, that'll happen. See, what's happening is the bacteria is pushing his brain out so they can bring it back to the queen bacteria.
Wait, so his brain is still fine?
Oh, yeah, it's fine. If we could find him a new body, he'd be okay.
Well, could you, like, find a new body? Do you know anyone that kind of looks like him?
Well, that's actually crazy that you say that, because there's this chef that looks, identical to him. It's this guy named Alejandro... Your breath smells so bad, man. It's this guy named Alejandro Pepe. Yeah, he's brain dead. He got hit by a bicycle.
He got hit by a bicycle?
Yeah, apparently some people were moving into the apartment upstairs, and they got in a fight, and somebody threw a bicycle, and it went out the window, and it hit him in the head, and it put him in a coma.
That looks like Chef Pee-Pee.
Yeah, it looks exactly like him and everything.
Well, then take his brain and put it in his body.
Okay, yeah, sure, no problem. Okay, ready to meet the new Chef Pee-Pee?
Oh my God, you look fresh as fuck!
I already know, fuck nigga. Look at me fresh than a bitch. Fresh white tee type shit. Oh,
no, wait.
Look at the hat, clean as fuck. Yo, snap back.
Wait, the new outfit. Wait, where'd you get a new Chef Pee-Pee outfit?
Oh, well, I actually dressed up as him for Halloween one year, so I already had the outfit.
I get it. I'm inspirational as fuck.
I never saw you on Halloween.
Yeah, I didn't come over here because it seemed kind of awkward because I didn't ask if I could do that. I just did it.
Oh my gosh, Chef Pee-Pee, do you like the new body?
Oh yeah, look at me. Wait, hold on. Let me see something. Oh, damn, I'm hung as fuck!
Oh, damn, Chef Pee-Pee!
Oh, I'm circumcised.
Pee-Pee got that pee-pee on super side, baby.
yeah, you gotta make sure you wash that. But anyway, guys, that's gonna be $10 million.
Excuse me, what?
Wait, We don't have the money.
What?
Broke as
I did a brain transplant. Did you think that was going to be cheap?
We're Canadian?
Okay, just let me know when you get $10 million and I'll give you this body back.
Jeffy, I swear if that hits me.
What are you gonna do?
I'll rip up your dumb toy.
Okay. Mommy, can you throw that back to me?
Here you go.
Well, don't give it back to him. Ugh.
It's good! Well, that's just rude.
Jeffy, you're grounded.
Why?
Because you hit me with the stupid toy and... Let me answer the door. Hello?
Hey, Marvin.
Why do you have a cat?
This is my $5 million cat, Mrs. Bigglesworth.
Why is it $5 million?
Because it's a Himalayan Yeti long hair. A Yeti and a cat banged, and this popped out, and I bought it for $5 million.
Well, why'd you bring it here?
Because I need you to watch her for me, Marvin.
Every time I watch your animal, something bad happens.
Oh, come on, Marvin. I have this wicked hot girl coming over, but she's allergic to cats, and I don't want her sneezing on me. Ew. So I just need you to watch her for 10 minutes.
Why only 10 minutes?
Because I don't last long. Plus, the post-nut clarity's gonna kick in, and I'm gonna want her to leave. Actually, it's gonna be 9 minutes because my pants are already down.
Okay, fine. Give me the damn cat.
Alright, thanks, Marvin.
Marvin, why do you have a cat?
Goodman wants me to watch it for 10 minutes.
Oh no, something bad always happens.
Not if we watch it for 10 minutes. Get the cat, get the cat! No. Oh, darn it.
What do we do now, Marvin?
She went under the table. Kitty!
Oh no.
Let me try to get like a toy to get her out.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
All right, baby, I got this like mouse toy.
Okay, and I got this spider on a string toy.
All right, let's try to get her out.
Okay.
Kitty, kitty, kitty.
Kitty.
Kitty, kitty, kitty. You want the toy?
Here. Come on, kitty.
Let me see what she's doing. Yep, she is under there and she is not trying to come out.
Oh no, what do we do?
Ooh, let's call a cat whisperer.
Okay.
Yeah.
Hey there, somebody call a cat whisperer.
Yeah, so there's a cat stuck in the...
Shh, quiet. We have to whisper. We don't want the cat to hear us.
Do you speak cat?
Shut the fuck up. Just whisper. Okay, I'm a cat whisperer. Okay, what's going on?
So I'm supposed to watch this cat for like 10 minutes. Well, actually like 9 minutes. And so the cat got stuck under the table. I need you to grab it.
Oh, that's it? That's all you need?
Yeah, I need you to grab the cat.
Well, we don't have to whisper for that. Usually people just want me to talk to their cat and figure out its felines. Felines? Yeah. Well, people usually just want me to, like, talk to their cat and figure out its favorite color or its favorite food or something. I mean, it's all a scam. I can't talk to cats any more than you can, but that's what I do. I scam people.
Well, can you get the cat from under the table?
Oh, yeah, that's easy. I got the perfect thing right here. Got some catnip. One smell of this and it'll come running. And it'll get high out of its goddamn mind.
Okay, well, let's use the catnip.
Hey, man. You wanna light this shit? Huh? You wanna light this fucking shit, bro? Huh? Oh, man. I am zooted right now. I'm not even me. I am a different puppet completely. This shit is so purple it should be asking where's Ronald. This that shit that killed Tupac. Oh, bro. Peep, Jeffy, look. He is cooked, my guy. He is looking into the eyes of eternity right now. Dude is smelling shapes. He is talking to God. Motherfucker's over there at Avatar 3. Oh my god. Oh. Hey, wait. I'm sorry, wait. I forget. Well, why am I even here, man?
My cat.
Oh yeah! kitty. Fuck him. Oh man. Hey, you know igloos? How does that even work? You know? Like, cause they're made of snow and ice, but they're round and ice is slippery. They should just fall over. How's that? Oh, bro. This is gonna be so cool. Bro, how about we get some ice from your fridge and we make an igloo? Yeah.
Okay.
This is gonna be so cool. Okay. I got the ice. Here comes the igloo. I'm gonna build an igloo. I'm gonna live in it with my little penguin family. Wait. These are not stacking. This is impossible. The world lied. Igloos are impossible. They use bricks. They use bricks and they paint them white. That's what they do. That was a good nap. Wait, why is there a plate of water here? Oh yeah, igloos.
Baby, Goodman could be here any minute. We have to get the cat out.
Oh, okay, yeah. I got the nip right here. You want to go one more time?
No, we have to get the cat.
Okay, lame. Okay, Marvin, where's this cat?
Underneath the table.
Let me take a look. Go look at the geeky. Your geekies. Okay, yeah, it's under there. Let me try the catnip. Hey, you want some catnip? Some pretty dank nip, huh? Take the nip. Take the catnip, you stupid cat. Maybe we should light some up just to show the cat it's good.
No, we have to hurry up and get the cat out.
Okay, yeah, I got something else. I got a laser pointer. Cats love laser pointers. Hey, you want the laser? Go get it. Go get it. It's not working. Okay, this is stupid. I'm just gonna go in there. It's a cat. I can grab it.
Yeah, just grab it.
Oh, God! Ow, get off my face! Ow! Oh, God, it's scratching me!
Are you okay?
Marvin, you should do something!
Get off!
What am I supposed to do?
I don't know.
Ow, God, it hurts! It hurts! Oh, God, it scratched my face!
Are you okay?
No, I'm not okay! It bit my ear and it scratched my eye! God damn it, I hate cats!
Well, but you're a cat whisperer.
No, I'm a dog person! God, I hate cats! I wish they'd all die! I hope you die, cat! You hear me? Okay, alright. I'm getting that cat out of there. This is personal now! Alright, I'm going in.
Well, what is that?
It's a lightsaber. What do you think it is? Get out of here, stupid cat! I have the high ground!
Oh, stop it!
What?
Well, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get the cat out of there. It's a Sith.
That's inhumane!
Yeah, well, it's inhumane what it did to my face.
Don't use a lightsaber.
Yeah, you're right. It's not the Jedi way. Master Yoda'd be pissed. Anyway, I have a better idea. I can use this hammer and maybe try to scare it out with loud noises. Get out here, stupid cat! You idiot cat! Alright, you know what? Get out of here! Get out of here!
No, stop it! Use other things other than weapons.
Okay, fine. I will get it out humanely. Alright, I got this dog. His name is Killer.
How is that dog gonna help get the cat out?
Like this. Sick him! Get him! Tear him apart! Fuck him up! Rip his head off!
Humanely?
Yeah, humanely rip his head off!
Get the dog out! Listen, I want the cat alive, I don't want you to kill it.
Killer's not gonna kill anybody. Well, okay, maybe he will. His name is Killer.
I need the cat in one piece.
Really? Oh, God, you're not making this easy for me.
You can't get the cat out?
Hey, do you want to try? You saw what it did to me.
Well, listen, can you do your job or not?
Yes, I can. Okay, but you're sure you need him alive?
I need him alive.
Okay, I got it. Alright, I got this.
What is that?
This is my police-issue taser.
A taser? I said don't kill the cat!
I'm not gonna kill the cat. I'm just gonna electrocute it with 100,000 volts.
And that's not gonna kill it?
No, look, it's just gonna knock the cat out so I can drag it out from under the table and then it'll wake up wherever you want it to.
And you promise it's not gonna hurt the cat?
No, I don't know. Who cares? Look, I electrocute bad guys with it all the time and they're fine. They still do bad things, so it can't be that bad. Okay, I'm going in. Here, kitty, kitty, kitty. Here, you little bastard. Yeah, take that. Yeah, you like that? Yeah, there you go. Yeah, bite down on it. Yeah, put it in your mouth. Yeah, that's right. Oh, come on. Okay, what the hell is that cat made of? I tasted it 3 times and it didn't go down.
It's part Yeti.
What? Part Yeti? You didn't tell me that.
I didn't think that was important.
What? Not important? Of course it's important. I need fire.
What, fire?
Yeah, hold on. I'll be right back. All right, I just got back from the fireworks store.
Fireworks store?
Yeah, I figured I could use some fireworks to scare the cat out because they're loud. Like, see, I got this bottle rocket. That could work. And then, oh, check this out. This is pretty badass. It's a pinball machine that explodes. I mean, I don't know how that'll help with the cat, but I thought it was pretty cool. And then I thought maybe I could throw one of these bombs under there and try to scare the cat out.
Is that gonna hurt the cat?
No, but it's probably just gonna make like a little flash of light, that's all.
Well, it's not gonna have like fire?
No, I mean, not much. No, I think the cat will be fine. It'll probably run out before it even explodes.
Oh, okay.
Okay, so I'm just gonna light this, alright? And then I'm gonna just toss that under there.
Oh! Is the cat okay?
Yeah, I'm sure the cat's fine. Let me just take a look. Oh, okay, yeah, that's not good.
Well, is the cat okay or not?
Well, remember when you said you needed the cat in one piece?
Yeah.
Well, there are several pieces.
What, several pieces? The cat dead?
No, it's not dead yet. I mean, it's close.
Well, no, fix it!
Okay, look, it'll be fine, okay? I'll just take it to the vet and see if I can put it back together.
You're the vet!
Yeah, I know, I'll just take it to my office. Look, it'll be fine. Just go sit on the couch.
Okay.
Ugh. Okay, nurse, we're gonna do surgery.
What do we got, doctor?
The cat, it was in a fireworks accident.
Oh my god, what happened?
I have no idea. I wasn't there, but, you know, I heard the cat was a real asshole, so, like, no big deal if it doesn't pull through. I'm gonna still do my best to try to put this together. Okay, needle and thread. Thank you. Alright, let's get to sewing. Alright, nurse, cut. Alright, it's all sewed up.
It looks stunning, Doctor.
Yeah, I just hope it's my size. I don't know if I got the measurements right.
You're gonna look great.
Yeah, I just didn't want that cat to go to waste.
Waste not, want not.
Alright.
Marvin, do you think the cat's okay?
It better be okay. That was a $5 million cat.
What?
Yeah, it was Goodman's valuable cat.
Marvin, I hate when Goodman leaves his expensive things here for us to watch.
Me too. I also hate it when Brooke guy leaves his catnip around Jeffy because he got into it again.
Hey there.
Is the cat okay?
No, it died during surgery.
It died?
Yeah, I'm sorry. On a related note, how you like my coat?
That is a really nice coat.
It's very white.
Go ahead and feel it.
Oh man, that is a soft coat.
Oh, I know.
Feels just like the cat.
Yeah, because it is.
What?
The coat is the cat.
You killed the cat, made a coat?
No, the cat died during surgery and I made a coat out of it afterward. I Cruella de Vil the shit out of that cat, and I'm starting to see why she wanted 101 of those Dalmatians.
That's sick!
Thank you, I think the coat is pretty sick.
No, as in you're sick in the head!
No, it only would have been sick if I killed the cat to make the coat. I killed the cat out of anger and then made the coat after it was already dead.
That's wrong!
What, you want all that fur to go to waste and cremate it? No, this is much better. I'm gonna be warm in the winter and hot in the summer. Damn.
Oh my god, Goodman's gonna kill me.
Who's that?
The owner of the cat.
Oh, well I did him a favor, because that cat was one mean lima bean.
Oh no, that's probably Goodman. I don't want to answer the door.
I'll answer it. Anything to show off my new coat. Hello?
Hey Marvin, here's the $100,000 I was going to give you for watching my cat. Wait, who are you?
Oh, I'm not Marvin. Marvin's upstairs.
Oh, okay. But damn, I love your coat.
Oh, thank you. I made it myself.
Yeah, I'll give you $100,000 for your coat.
Damn, okay, yeah, sure.
Great. Hey Marvin.
Oh, hey Goodman.
I was gonna pay you $100,000 for watching my cat, but the guy who answered your door was wearing this amazing coat, and I thought it would look stunning on you. So instead of giving you $100,000, I bought this coat for you.
You bought this coat?
I sure did. Now, all you gotta do is just give me my cat back, and I'll be on my way. No, Marvin, this coat's for you. Just give me my cat back, and you can keep the coat.
Yeah.
I don't understand why you're doing this, Marvin. I just want my cat back, so just give me the cat back and stop playing these games.
I gave you your cat back. That's your cat. Your cat's the coat.
What the fuck? I hate Thanksgiving. The stock market's closed, so I can't make any money. Chives! More pagging!
More pagging, sir!
Chives, what the hell are you doing? I'm not gonna hold the glass while you pour my pagging. Take the glass from me, Chives!
Sorry, sir.
We need to get your brain skinned, you old fuck!
Well, you know it's pronounced champagne and not pagging.
Well, you're a real champagne in my ass, Chives. And if you talk back again, that bottle's gonna be a real champagne in your ass.
Very well, sir.
Hold on, I'm getting a phone call. And I better not hear a single peep out of that old dentured mouth of yours.
Yes, sir.
You see that? You see what you just did? That thing where your mouth was moving and shit was coming out of it? Yeah, no more of that. Wait, you don't know how to say yes, sir?
But you just
shut the fuck up, Chives! You know what? Sit on the bottle.
What?
Sit on the bottle. I want you to take that bottle all the way to the base of your ass. Hurry, Chives, because if I miss this phone call, you're out on the streets. Shut up! Hello?
Hello, my friend. It is me, Prince Abu Dhabi.
What do you want? You bored building sandcastles and shit?
Yes.
Well, what the fuck do you want? I'm in the middle of a very important business meeting.
No, it's not.
Hold on. My golden retriever likes to do that cute thing where he rubs his ass on the carpet. Shut the fuck up, Chives! Now, where were we?
Oh, you were just wondering why I was calling you, and it was so I could tell my bestie the happiest of Thanksgivings.
I hate Thanksgiving.
But you get to eat all the turkey and the stuffing.
Yeah, I hate it.
But we don't have Thanksgiving in the Middle East.
Yeah, but they filmed Star Wars there, and you got the pyramids, so you got that going for you.
Well, if someone would throw me a true, perfect American Thanksgiving dinner, I would give them $1 billion.
$1 billion to have Thanksgiving?
Duh, of course.
Well, I'll give you a Thanksgiving for $1 billion.
You would do that for me?
Yeah, and I'll even dress up like a pilgrim with a buckle on my hat and shit.
Oh, you're the best person ever. I'm getting on my private jet now and heading there.
Okay, I'll see you when you get here.
Oh, thank God.
Chives, I didn't tell you to get off the bottle. But Chives, get off the bottle. I need you to get that old ass in the kitchen and make an entire Thanksgiving dinner in 1 hour.
In 1 hour? But sir, I don't even know how to cook a turkey.
Well, get on YouTube and figure it the fuck out.
Oh, very well, sir.
If it's not done in 1 hour, then I swear to God, I'm gonna take my phone and we're gonna film one man, one bottle. Paint Olympics and shit.
By the way, sir, it's 5 p.m., so here is your caviar.
Oh, thanks for reminding me, Chives. Quinceañera! The caviar! My balls! Now!
I'm here, Mr. Goodman.
Yeah, you thought you were gonna get out of it, didn't you? Caviar's right there. Get to smearing. I want it all over the place, even behind my balls.
Okay, Mr. Goodman.
We're not gonna miss a single egg this time.
Oh, it's done! Yes! I can't believe I did it! I cooked a whole Thanksgiving dinner in under an hour, with time to spare!
Chives, next time you go to the grocery store, I'm gonna need you to get some French onion dip for my asshole. Quinceañera wants to mask the flavor.
Look, sir, I did it! I cooked the whole Thanksgiving dinner!
You want a fucking cookie? You did exactly what I told you to do. Great! Now let's see what we got here. Nuts, biscuits, cat throw up. Chives, what in the fuck is this? This looks like green bean trail mix.
It's green bean casserole, sir.
Well, that's disgusting. I don't want it here. Now I'm gonna try the turkey. Nom 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 nom.
My God, sir, can you chew with your mouth shut?
Nom 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 nom. That's some good turkey, Chives. You know what? You do deserve a cookie. You can go in the pantry and get one of your dog biscuits, but just one.
Sir? Are you feeling all right?
I just had caviar licked off my nutsack, Chives. I'm feeling fantastic.
But sir, you're a turkey.
What the fuck? Chives, you're a fucking turkey. Fuck you.
No, sir, I mean like you literally have a beak.
And you look like you have a beak with that stupid mouth of yours.
Sir, please, go to the bathroom and look in the mirror. You are literally a turkey. Beak, feathers, everything.
Chives, I told you we need to get your brain checked, you old shit. I guess I'm gonna go to the bathroom and take a piss so I don't get a UTI from all the caviar in my urethra. Chives is getting old. That dementia's setting in, so I'm probably gonna have to euthanize him. Oh, ha ha! Very funny, Chives! You must have went to a carnivore or fair or some shit and got one of those mirrors that turns everything into a turkey. Chives, you get in here and fix my mirror! Chives, why aren't you a turkey in the mirror?
Well, sir, there's nothing wrong with the mirror. You are literally a turkey.
Chives, I'm gonna peck those stupid fucking eyes out of your head. You tell me what's wrong with my mirror.
There's nothing wrong with your mirror. You are a turkey, sir.
I don't get it. Stop screwing around and fix my mirror.
Hold on, sir. Look in the camera, sir.
Is that one of those stupid fucking Snapchat filters that turns everything into a turkey?
No, you are a turkey.
If I was a turkey, would I be able to do this? I'm a turkey! Turkey face! Chives, you better fix this right now! I need my $1 billion because the Prince of Abu Dhabi's coming!
Wait, why is he giving you $1 billion?
He said he'd give me $1 billion if I gave him a Thanksgiving dinner.
Wait a minute. If I kill Goodman, I could take the $1 billion for myself. I mean, I did cook the dinner. Goodman, hurry quick to the kitchen. I know how to fix this.
Okay.
Hurry, sir. Put your head right here. I know how to fix this.
Okay.
All right, let me just grab the medicine. Now, don't look. This is really nasty medicine and it might hurt for a second. Just have to line it up. And
I see what you're trying to do, Chives. You're trying to kill me so you can get the $1 billion.
Exactly! Get back here! Get back here! Well, I guess it doesn't matter. As long as Goodman's not here, the $1 billion is mine.
Boydie, Thanksgiving dinner's almost ready.
Well, hurry it up. I gotta go to work.
Aw, Boydie, I hate that you have to work on Thanksgiving.
Yeah, well, they're offering double pay and we really need the money. And besides, people like to steal a lot on Thanksgiving. They think it's thanks-stealing, or thieves-giving, or thieves-stealing, or...
Knock it off, Boydie. I get the picture. Turn off your football game and pay attention to me.
But I want to see if the Miami Dolphins quarterback gets another concussion. His brain must be oatmeal by now.
Turn it off, Boydie.
Oh, look, here in the news. Breaking news! There's been a massive recall on Butterball turkeys because apparently some of the workers at the Butterball factory were banging the turkeys. So now one of the turkeys is cursed. So if you eat it, you'll turn into a turkey. So if you have a Butterball turkey, it's best not to even try to eat it. Go buy a new brand of turkey or kill your own!
Oh no, Boydie, we have a Butterball turkey!
Oh no, how cheeked up is it?
It's pretty thick, Boydie.
Oh yeah, it's definitely soiled.
Boydie, you gotta go to the store and get me a new one!
Well, Karen, we don't need a turkey. We can just eat ham and cheese Lunchables.
Oh, actually, Boydie, we're out of those too, so you can pick those up while you're at the store.
I'm not going to the store, Karen. They're gonna be sold out of everything.
Boydie, go get me a damn turkey!
I'm not gonna get you a toiki.
Boydie, Thanksgiving's gonna be ruined without one!
Okay, fine. I'll go get one. Damn.
I gotta get to Marvin. He can fix me. He'll love to fix me. And then I'll get his house payment.
Ugh, I hate working on Thanksgiving. I want to be at home watching football. And where the hell am I even supposed to find a turkey? All the stores are closed. I mean, there's no point in me even looking now. Wait, what is that? What? Oh, a speeder! Great! I'm gonna ruin his Thanksgiving too.
Oh, no! The cops! They're gonna pull me over! Well, maybe they can help me.
I can't believe I'm doing this on Thanksgiving. I'm gonna ruin this guy's day, I'll tell you what. Nobody's gonna have a worse Thanksgiving. Hey there, sir. Or should I say gobble gobble?
Hey, I'm kind of in a rush.
Holy shit, it talks! I must have fallen asleep on the couch watching football.
No, this is very real.
Oh, I see. You must have eaten one of those Butterball turkeys.
Yes, and this is the worst situation I've ever been in.
Oh, I'm really sorry to hear that. I'll let you go on your way.
Okay, thank you.
Hold on a minute. My wife wants me to get a turkey. And this guy is a turkey. I could just kill this guy and bring him home to my wife and maybe she'll shut the hell up. Sir, I need you to step out of the car, please.
No, I'm leaving. I don't have time for this.
Well, no, I need to search the car to make sure you don't have turkey meth.
No, I'm leaving.
What? No, sir, you can't do that. Sir, hey, no, get out.
Don't touch my car, you poor!
Peck me.
You!
What? Hey!
You poor! Poor you!
Yeah, well, you're a fucking turkey. How about that? Fuck you!
Thanksgiving dinner is really looking good this year. I outdo myself every single year, though. And your ass just keep teasing me, girl. Ooh, thick ass, just toot it up and I just want to get behind it and just act up right now. But I gotta finish preparing this damn dinner. You know I ain't got time for a quickie. Yo, sexy ass. Ooh, shut pee-pee! What, Braxton? I'm trying to prepare dinner. What kind of turkey is that? Oh, it's a butterball. Oh, hell no! We can't eat a butterball turkey this year. Did you see the news? They just said that people were humping turkeys and putting their buttery balls on the butterballs, so we can't eat that. Wait, really? What? No way! Can't be! What kind of sick-ass weirdo would hump a turkey? That's for Thanksgiving. I thought you were a damn virgin. You lied to me. You lying whore. Well, anyway, Chef Pee-Pee, I need you to find a live turkey and kill it right in front of me so I know that it's not tainted. Well, where am I supposed to find a live turkey, Braxton? I don't know. Figure it out. Oh, Jesus. What? Who's at the door? Hello?
Hey. I know, I'm a talking turkey.
Wait. I don't remember smoking crack earlier, so why is there a talking turkey at my front door?
Listen, I got turned into a turkey and I need to talk to Marvin.
Oh, hell no, you're not talking to Marvin. I'm cutting your head off in front of Braxton.
If you touch me, I'm going to peck out your eyeballs.
Oh, look, I need to kill you, come on. Wait. Do me a favor real quick. I need a 360, turn that ass around. God damn, thick ass bitch. I just want to bite that motherfucker.
Listen, if you let me talk to Marvin, I'll let you smack it again later.
Okay, well, right this way, goddammit.
Hey Marvin, it's me, Goodman! Well, don't just stare at me, help me!
Marvin, I can't explain that.
It's a talking turkey!
Yeah, it's me, Goodman! I turned into a turkey and I need to change back into a human! Somebody help me!
Oh, you must ate one of those contaminated turkeys on the...
Yeah, the butterball shits now, help me!
Okay, first of all, even if I could help you, why would I help you? All you do is ask me for money.
You have a house that has a mortgage, and I want the house payment, Marvin!
What do I do?
I think you should kill him. No, don't kill him. He's your best friend. He's not your best friend. He just wants your house payment.
What, Crunk from Emperor's New Groove?
Yeah, that's me.
No, that's me.
No, that's me. Times infinity.
Well, fuck.
Yeah, don't listen to him anyway. He's just a pussy.
Hey, you don't say that. You got beat up in kindergarten all the time.
Hey, I told you not to tell people that. It's a very sensitive subject.
All right, guys, let's stay focused. What should I do?
I think you should eat him. I got a big-ass fork here if you want to borrow.
Well, he's got a point.
Okay, even if I wanted to turn him back into a human, how would I do that?
Oh, simple. Easemus potion.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Eastman does have a potion.
Well, can you get me the potion?
No.
That's okay. I can.
All right, now that he's gone, let's eat. No, I got Eastman's potion right here. Damn it!
Okay, well, give him the potion.
All right, Turkey Man, here you go.
Thanks for turning me back, Marvin. Now, give me your house payment.
Really? You're still gonna ask for your house payment after I just helped you out? It's Thanksgiving.
Yeah, I want to say thanks for you giving me your house payment. So, gimme.
I don't have it. What are we gonna do? I'm so stressed out.
Who cares? He owes you his house payment. Get your money! He turned you back into a human. He didn't have to do that. He could have let you die. Yeah, but how many house payments does he owe you?
A lot.
Exactly! So get your damn money! But come on, man, it's Thanksgiving! Yeah, it's Thanksgiving, not a jury event!
There is an old man waiting for me to beat his ass at my house.
Yeah.
You know what, Marvin? You don't owe a house payment this month.
Wait.
I have old man ass to beat.
Really?
I told you should have ate it. Well, I think you did the right thing, pal.
Oh, any minute now and that $1 billion will be coming to the door. That must be my $1 billion. Hello, Your Majesty.
Hello, my sexy bald-headed friend. It is me, Prince Abu Dhabi.
And it is I, Camille Habib Abab. Camilla's in Camel.
Shut the hell up! So, is my Thanksgiving feast ready?
It is right this way, sir.
Oh my Alanis! Look at this Thanksgiving feast! It's perfect!
Yes, I would like to apologize for Goodman. He unfortunately won't be able to make it because he is, very, very sick.
Oh, well, I'm very sorry to hear that.
Yes, but he told me that you could hand me his $1 billion in cash.
Well, I don't bring it in cash, but I did bring it in gold! Is that okay?
Yes, that's perfect! I'll just be taking this.
What, you don't want to stay and have dinner with me?
Well, I really must be going.
What?
I can't stay. I mean, I need to have this money and take it to Goodman's bank.
Come here! Spit on him! He disrespected me by not wanting to have Thanksgiving dinner!
You know, Goodman does this to me all the time.
Come here! We are leaving!
Wait! No! I'll have Thanksgiving dinner with you! I'll do anything!
No! You lost your chance!
No! Damn it!
Chives, where are you? You better have a good fucking hiding place because when I find you, this bottle is going in your ass and I'm gonna break it! Where you at, Chives? You can't hide forever! Whenever I find you, I'm gonna give you $1 billion worth of pain! Where you at, Chives? Chives? Are you hiding in my grandfather's fucking ashes, you dirty son of a bitch? I wouldn't have anything to say either. Chives, you bite that turkey so you turn into a turkey, and then I'm gonna cut your head off and butterball your ass.
But sir, I said I'm sorry.
Are you $1 billion sorry? Bite it!
Nom.
I'll give you a 10-second head start. I run faster with a boner!
Jeffy, stop it. I don't like the noise, Jeffy. Stop it. If you hit it one more time, Okay, well, you need to stop hitting it so you can hear what I'm going to threaten you with. If you hit it one more time, I swear to God, I'm going to take your TV away. I'm going to take your video games away. You're not going to have any friends. You're not going to do anything fun. I'm going to take away the stupid ball. I'm going to take away the stick. You're not going to have anything until you move out.
See that? You ain't gonna do shit.
Give me that.
You two?
He was making annoying noises. I want him to stop.
Marvin, behave yourself. Why don't we watch a movie?
Jeffy, stop it! What movie do you want to watch?
We should watch Master of Disguise.
What's Master of Disguise?
It's a movie about a guy who can disguise himself as
Baby, he won't stop!
It's fine, Marvin. We'll watch a movie and it'll distract him. He even dresses up as a turtle.
I want to watch a movie about a turtle.
Wait, okay, so what's the movie about?
It's a guy that dresses up and disguises himself as anyone or anything, and he's amazing. It's really funny, and Jeffy will love it.
Okay, turn it on. Don't you hit it during the movie.
Okay, I know it's called the Turtle Club, but I think you're taking it a little too literally.
Turtle! Excuse me, are you two a member of the Turtle Club?
Not exactly.
Not exactly. Turtle! Am I not turtly enough for the Turtle Club?
Well, I can't let you guys in without a Turtle Club membership.
Oh, but he's been wanting to come to this club ever since he was a little boy. If we could just look around for 1 minute, just real quick.
I'm sorry, I can't.
Oh no.
Oh no! See now he's throwing a fit, and it's only gonna get worse unless we go in. So
Okay. For 5 minutes, you guys can come in.
Turtle?
Oh, thank you so much.
Turtle.
What the fuck is this?
Marvin, it's a funny movie. It's cute. He's a turtle.
I want to be a turtle.
Turtle.
Okay, I'm in hell. I'm in hell.
You know, like this, Jeffy. It's like Perry the Platypus.
Perry the Hairy Puss.
Okay, that's the news. But the news. Everyone watch the news.
Breaking news, MK! Due to civil unrest across the globe, the U.S. Congress has approved the reinstatement of the military draft due to the lack of voluntary enlistments. So if you are between the ages of 18 to 25, you will be drafted into the military to go to war.
The draft? They're drafting people in the military?
Well, don't worry, Marvin. They said 18 through 25. We're good.
Oh yeah, we are good. What about Jeffy?
Oh, I'm good. I'm retarded.
Oh yeah, I guess we're all good. Him chewing on crayons paid off. Back to being turtles, I guess.
Turtle!
Okay, stop. There's someone at the door. Let me answer.
Oh yeah, take that. Oh yeah, less teeth. Oh yeah, please.
Hello? What? The military? What are you doing here?
Hey, we're here to draft Jeffy.
What? Draft Jeffy? Oh, because he's 20 years old.
Yep, perfect age.
Okay, well, I think you forgot. He's on the spectrum.
Oh no, that's actually even better. He has the strength of 10 men. That's 10 less people we gotta draft.
You still want to draft him even though he's mentally disabled?
Oh yeah, we got rid of the whole medical and disability thing. We're just drafting anybody now. I actually just drafted a guy in a wheelchair. I'm gonna push him over landmines. Fuck it.
Wait, you're still going to draft people even if they're sick, like even someone in the hospital?
Oh yeah, as a matter of fact, I actually just drafted an 18-year-old with stage 4 leukemia. He's a gunner on an AC-130 now. I literally don't care. The only reason I wouldn't draft somebody is if they're gay.
If they're gay, why?
Well, because gay people just aren't scary, you know? It's like, we're the military, we like pussy and killing people. Just gay people don't do all that.
Okay, I think gay people could be extra scary because what if the other army is super straight and they don't like gay people and our gay soldiers try to kiss them?
Oh, that is pretty scary. I don't want to be kissed by a dude.
Yeah, so you should draft gay people. Because what stops Jeffy from lying and saying he's gay?
Oh, I actually have a foolproof trick for that. See, what I do is I whip it out and I tell them to suck it. And if they don't suck it, then they're obviously straight.
What?
See? Yeah, I mean, like, I've found so many closeted straight people doing that. One guy was actually halfway through before he came out as straight. I always know when it's a straight guy doing it.
Okay, but that doesn't make you gay.
No, absolutely not. Then I couldn't be in the military.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so I just need to come in and see what's going on with Jeffy and see if he's gay or what.
Okay, he's not gay, but he's just not mentally capable to fire a gun.
No, anybody can fire a gun. There are high school students that can fire a gun. It's not that hard. I just gotta talk to him.
Who's at the door, Marvin?
It was the military.
The military?
Tell her yes.
Yes, the military.
Marvin, ask him what he wants.
She wants to know what you want.
Tell her I'm here to draft Jeffy.
He's here to draft. Wait, why don't you just talk to each other right there?
What do you want?
Oh, I'm here to draft Jeffy.
What? No, you can't do that, Jeffy. He's a little...
A little without.
Oh, what are you talking about? He's ready for war. He's already a Ninja Turtle.
But why is he dressed like a turtle?
Turtle! And he has his own battle cry. If I heard that in war, I'd be scared as fuck.
Yeah, I got my own hammer.
And he's got a Thor hammer. Marvin, he's the perfect soldier.
Jeffy, you're not getting drafted.
Am I not turtly enough for the draft?
See, he clearly wants to do it.
But Jeffy, if you go to war, you're going to have to kill people. You don't want to
Marvin, don't try to sway him. Let me interview him. Jeffy, do you want to kill people?
Oh, what'd they ever do to me?
They hate turtles in America.
Fuck them.
Oh, see, that's perfect. Wait, you are straight, right?
Yeah, I don't like wiener.
Oh, there you go. Perfect soldier.
Oh, okay, come on. Is there anything I can do to get Jeffy not to be drafted? There has to be something I can do.
Well, I don't normally do this, but if you suck me off, I'll let him out of this.
Wait, what?
Yeah, you gotta give me a good old-fashioned heterosexual suck-off.
What? No, I'm not doing that.
Marvin, you have to. Jeffy's life's at stake.
I'm not sucking dick. Listen, there's got to be something. Is there any way I can, what if I found someone? What if I found someone to replace Jeffy's spot?
Well, I guess that would work, but they'd have to be pretty strong and very straight.
What if I find you the strongest, straightest man in the world to take his spot?
Okay, that'd work. But I also want a $1 bill with a letter K on it.
Why?
What? No, not Y, K.
No, YK.
No, not the letter Y. I just need the letter K.
YAK.
That's 3 letters. I don't need that. I just need the letter K.
Y-A-K.
Yak? Are you trying to spell yak?
But why do you need a letter K on $1?
Oh, see, to complete my collection. See, I have every letter of the alphabet on a $1 bill except for the letter K. And when I complete my collection, it'll be worth $26.
Baby, do you have any dollars?
I think so.
With a letter K on it? That has to be simple.
Okay, let's see. I have E, a G, a F, a H, and an L.
I already have all those, fuck!
Well, this is all I got!
Okay, listen, baby, you find $1 with a K on it. I'll ask everyone that I can see if they have a K, but I will find you a very strong, straight man.
Okay, you have 5 minutes.
Oh, fuck!
Hey, Shrek.
No, right now, Loki. I'm in the middle of taking a crap. Squirt, 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 squirt like a goddamn water gun.
Oh, God.
Oh, Donkey, don't you see the caution sign up there? It says caution, poo in progress, but this is more like a shit.
Okay, listen, I just ask you a favor real quick.
What, Donkey? I think I have a break. Make it quick.
Okay, so Jeffy just got drafted into the...
Oh, get a draft of that shit.
Oh, my God, I'm so gross. Oh, how is it still coming out?
I don't know, Donkey. Just get some...
Okay, so listen, Jeffy got drafted in the military, and I was wondering if you could take a spot.
Hey, Donkey, why don't you just take that toilet paper right there and just give it a big bear hug, and then run up my ass crack as fast as you can, and just stick it to my ass like wallpaper, and then peel it off into the toilet, and then flush it for me? That'd be great. More squirting!
Okay, never mind.
Super Soaker!
Hey, Dougie.
Not right now, my bibs. I'm in the middle of the game.
I need a favor, Dougie.
No, my bibs, I'm busy.
Dougie, please.
My bibs, you is so annoying.
So now you know what it's finally like.
What?
Listen, so Jeffy just got drafted by the military, and they said if someone took his spot, he doesn't have to go. And since you like to go to war in your Call of Duty video game, maybe you'd want to take his spot?
Well, my bibs, see, I loves to, but I can't read, and I also can't color so good.
Well, you don't have to color in the military, and I don't think you have to read. All you have to do is know how to shoot a gun, and you shoot a gun all the time in your video game.
Well, see, the thing is, in real life, they got friendly fire in their bips. And so sometimes in the game, I'll just be shooting around, and I don't know what I'm doing, so I might do some friendly fire.
Oh, okay, listen, they'll teach you, you'll learn not to do friendly fire.
Well, see, the thing is, my teacher in 3rd grade, Miss Robin Pimps, she said I can't learn so good. She says that I ain't know how to write really good, and that I don't know how to hold a pencil.
Okay, so, well, you don't have to hold a pencil, you have to hold a gun, and you do know how to learn because I promise you, they'll pay you $2,000 a month.
Ooh, $2,000 a month? That's like so many, really a lot, so dollars so good a year.
Yeah, that's $24,000 a year.
Ooh, I can almost get me a Hellcat with that one.
Yeah, so you want to do it for that?
Nah, I'm good mooching.
Good mooching. Listen, Dougie, if you don't do it, you're out on your ass. I'm kicking you out of this house.
And you ain't gonna do shit on your bitch ass.
Oh, Dougie, you're gonna get what's coming to you. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee.
What's up, Marvin? Hey, you want some mac and cheese donuts? I just found this recipe on Pinterest. It looks sick as hell.
It looks gross.
Oh, fuck you then, lame ass, pussy ass, ugly ass.
Stop touching me, please.
What, you can't come in here disrespecting my mac and cheese donuts?
Well,
what
listen,
do you want?
I was just... Jeffy got drafted by the military.
What? He got drafted? He gonna fight for our country? That's cool as hell. But they're gonna give him a gun?
Well, see, that's the thing, is that I don't want him to get drafted, and they said that if I find someone to replace him, that he doesn't have to go.
Oh, wow. Well, good luck with that shit.
So I was wondering if you would go and replace him.
What? Me? Die for this country? Hell no! Fuck no! Say it with me, Marvin. Fuck no! Say it with me, Marvin. Fuck no! One more time. Fuck! Why are you not saying it?
Because, listen, Jeffy, it's serious. Like, I don't want Jeffy to go. Look, they'll pay you $2,000 a month.
$2,000 a month? To fucking die? Fuck no! Marvin, why are you not saying it? Fuck!
Oh, okay, listen, I understand it, but listen, okay, I didn't want to tell you the truth because it's top secret.
Oh, top secret, you say?
Yeah, they made me swear under oath. It's top secret security clearance.
You swear on the oath? Why?
Yeah, listen, let me just tell you. Okay, so the military recruiter, he's upstairs, and he said that he needs the strongest, straightest American to get Osama bin Laden's daughter pregnant.
They need me?
Yeah, they need someone. I think you're the straightest. I think you're the strongest.
Well, you're right. I could pull this off.
Yeah, they want to get Osama bin Laden's daughter's pregnant because to get back for 9/11, and they want you to do it. And I didn't want to tell you. It was supposed to be a secret, but they want you to do it, buddy.
I am very reliable and straight and strong, the strongest ever.
But do you think you could get her pregnant? You think you could put her through it?
Yeah, I could put her ass through it. Bend her ass over the stove. I have to.
Yeah, but I don't know. I don't think you want to do it. I'll find someone else.
Marvin, come on now. I'm the straightest man you ever known. Come on, you just said it yourself.
But I don't know if you would be willing to do it.
Oh boy, all right, helicopter all over here and make sure. Oh boy, we're gonna recreate 9/11. Where ass at? Point me in the direction.
You don't mention it to him.
All right, where that military recruit at? I'm about to knock her towers down. I'm talking about flying my plane straight through her towers and then in a Pentagon over and over again. Like, yeah, this is what your daddy did. This is what your daddy did.
I'm sorry, whose side are you on?
Hey, this is Chef Pee-Pee. He is taking Jeffy's side in the draft, right, Chef Pee-Pee?
I'm ready to smash Osama bin Laden's daughter.
What is he talking about?
Okay, he's a little schizophrenic. He just thinks that he wants to bang Osama bin Laden's daughter. He's a little weird. Just don't mention it.
Oh, okay. Well, as long as he's strong and straight, I don't care.
Oh, he's strong and straight. Let me talk to him for a second. Hey, don't mention Osama bin Laden's daughter to this guy. He's kind of jealous that he doesn't get to bang her.
Oh, I understand. If I get to hit it first, I'm gonna knock them walls loose.
Yeah. So just don't mention it anymore. Just act like you're in the normal military, okay?
I guess.
You're on a secret mission. All right, you guys can talk now.
Hey, you're strong and straight, right?
Yep, strong, straight, and ready to lay some pipe.
Oh, hell yeah, that's perfect, man. All right, so now all I need is my $1 bill with the letter K on it.
I have it right here.
Oh, okay. Here you go. That looks like the letter K to me.
Yep, that is the letter K.
So do I need to bring some condoms?
To war?
Yeah, protection and everything.
I mean, if you want to.
Oh, I get to choose, Marvin. Oh, I'm about to go raw in the bitch. Oh, I'm about to get nasty.
Okay, well, y'all should hurry up and get on the plane or wherever the fuck y'all are going.
Yeah, come on, man.
Okay.
What's I'm supposed to do now?
Okay, I think you guys just go back to being turtles. I'll take a spot.
Jeffy, Marvin and I are going on a picnic.
Outside in the hot.
Marvin, you said you weren't going to complain.
It's August. Why would we eat outside? Let's eat inside with the air conditioning.
But Marvin, it's such a beautiful day outside.
But the grass is gross. It's wet, and there could be dog pee or poop.
Don't worry, Marvin. I brought a blanket.
But there's bugs, there's ants and mosquitoes and loud kids on bicycles.
Ugh. Jeffy, do you want to come on a picnic with us?
No, I'm tending to my garden.
Jeffy, I didn't know you liked gardening. Look, Marvin, even Jeffy likes being outside.
But it's inside on my computer.
Oh.
How are you gardening on your computer?
Dang, it's a game called Grow a Garden. I got 50 trillion shekels in that bitch. See right there, I got the Francesco plant. I got several rainbow bone blossoms and sugar apples and spiked mangoes in this bitch.
Is that good?
Oh, dang, it's the tits. I got a green thumb up my ass.
Marvin, can we please go on our picnic now?
Okay, Jeff, if you don't hear from us, I died of a heat stroke.
Okay.
Jeffy, did you shit your pants?
Once or twice.
Jeffy, why would you not go use the toilet?
Because I'm busy playing my game. I gotta plant a seed, and then I gotta throw some sprinklers on that bitch, wait 45 minutes, and do it all over again.
All right, during your 45-minute wait, why don't you go use the toilet?
Well, because I have to wait to see if the plant does what it's supposed to do. Plus, I already got a pancake shit to my ass. It looks like a fudge round.
Baby, go start a bath for him.
Okay.
Jeffy, you're gonna take a bath while we're out taking this picnic.
Got it.
Okay, no, you're actually gonna take the bath.
All right.
And you're gonna get that fudge round off your ass.
Oh, yeah, you might need to use like a jackhammer or something. Oh, jackhammer dick! Going up and down fast as shit and fuck.
All right, Jeffy, I started your bath, but I didn't turn off the water. So in a couple of minutes, you're gonna have to turn off the water and take your bath, okay?
All right, got it.
What'd she say, Jeffy?
No, something about getting the bath, turn the water off, wash my ass, don't use a jackhammer.
Yeah, that. All right, let's go.
Marvin, sound happy.
Wee. Jeffy, we're back home from the picnic. I'm finally home in the air conditioning. Whew. Wait, why is the ground wet? Jeffy, did you take a bath?
Yep.
Did you dry off?
No, I wanted to air dry.
Oh, Jeffy, you track so much water in that house. It's so wet. Jeffy, why do you still smell like shit? Did you take a bath? Huh? Jeffy? Huh? Oh my God, he forgot to turn the bathtub off.
Oh no.
Oh my God. Ah! There's water everywhere, it's all over the floor. Jeffy, God, what the fuck?
Marvin, turn it off quick!
That's what I'm doing, John.
Why, Marvin, just why?
There's water everywhere. Oh, it's like a bitch of water. It's like a damn video game. That's why he did it. It's a stupid video game. I'm gonna break his laptop. Jeffy!
Oh.
You overflowed the bathtub.
Okay.
Give me that game, you bitch. Hey! You motherfucker! You give me my laptop back! My garden! Fuck your garden! You stupid The bathtub. You're ugly and stupid and dumb. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, screw your dumbass garden game. I hope it's gone forever. I'm gonna clean up all this mess.
Boys, what's with all the yelling?
Daddy's a dickhole!
Marvin, what did you do?
He threw my expensivest tits laptop into the bathtub!
Marvin, that wasn't very nice.
You know he forgot to turn the bathtub off and it overflowed.
Hold on! Pause! That would be the fault of whoever turned the bathtub on in the first place, because they should have known not to trust me to do what I was told. See, you guys should be the ones that should get in trouble, because y'all left me here with an overflowing bathtub. I could have drowned. You can't leave someone with my mental condition unattended. I don't even know what I'm doing half the time. Every time I do something, it turns to shit. So now that we've established it's not my fault, you guys owe me a new laptop.
Well, I don't know. You know what I owe you? I owe you a spanking.
No, you don't. You owe me a laptop and more shekels. 70 trillion shekels.
You know what? You can go get your own goddamn new fucking laptop. How about you go start a real garden?
You know what? Maybe I will. Maybe that's what I'll do.
Marvin, I have a bad feeling about this.
Oh no, he can go screw up other people's lives. I have to call a water damage repair person.
Honey, stop diddling in your garden and come make me supper.
All right, Hank.
A real life garden? They have candy blossoms, a bone blossom, and a frozen and shocked watermelon, and a frozen and shocked pineapple? Oh, I'm taking all this. Honey, I think the tard from across the street's fucking around in your garden.
What? Hank, he'd better not be touching my candy blossom, my bone blossom, or my sugar apples!
I think he is.
Hank, go stop him!
Alright. Hey, fucktard! Stop fucking around in my wife's garden! Stop it!
Hank, yell louder! Be a man!
Hey! Stop it! Oh, fuck. Oh, well, looks like he got away with it.
Hank, go call the police!
It's just a fucking candy blossom.
Hey there, somebody call the cops?
Yes, someone robbed my garden!
They robbed your garden? What is this, war times? The Great Depression? Who robs a garden?
A thief, that's who!
Okay, well, how much money worth of produce did they steal?
Billions of shekels worth!
Shekels? What the hell time period did I get dropped into? Could you convert that into US dollars for me?
It's worth a lot!
Okay, let me look it up. It says right here that 1 billion shekels is worth 20 US cents on eBay. So this is petty theft. This is beyond petty. It's actually petty for you to have even called me.
But he stole my shucked frozen watermelon!
Shucked and frozen watermelon. How did you freeze it? Did he steal it out of your deep freezer? And it's electrified too? That should be a crime by itself. That's fruit torture.
At least he left my sugar apples.
Okay, now I know my apples. I actually love apples, and I've never seen an apple that looks anything like that. And that apple's frozen. How did you manage that? It's August. Do you even know who stole all this produce?
Yeah, it was the neighbor's kid.
Okay, well, I will go have a talk with the neighbor's kid and see if I can get him to give you a quarter.
Marvin, you're not umming with
I can smell my own balls.
Marvin, no, this is supposed to help your anger issues. Breathe in, breathe out.
I'm breathing my own ball air.
Marvin, stop. We're gonna center in and look at the third eye.
My penis? There's someone at the door.
Marvin, you're throwing off my zen.
Hello?
Hey, Marvin.
The cops? I didn't call the cops.
No, somebody called the cops on you.
Oh, was it because of all the yelling?
No, but what yelling, Marvin? Tea time? Come on, spill it. Did you hit her? I wouldn't blame you if you did. Sometimes it feels like one good smack could solve everything.
I did not hit her.
No, you're right. This conversation's better had at Dunkin' Donuts. You drive so I can drink.
No, I can't leave. I'm kind of waiting on someone.
Waiting on someone?
Hey, did someone call a water damage repair guy?
Mark.
Brooklyn.
What the hell are you doing here, Mark?
I'm here to repair some water damage.
Marvin, is this true? Did you call this man, or is he soliciting? Because that's illegal in this neighborhood. I could arrest him. Just say he's a soliciting bitch, Marvin, and I'll slap the cups on him.
No, I did call him.
Marvin, why would you call up Mark? My arch nemesis when you have my phone number. I can repair water damage.
Well, his prices are cheaper.
Well, that's because on his website, he looks at my website and lowers all the prices by $1. He doesn't know what he's doing. I can follow YouTube tutorials way better than he can.
I do too know what I'm doing, and I can follow YouTube tutorials as well.
Mark, you see this badge on my shirt? This Sodon badge? That means I have authority over you. I could end your life. And the worst that would happen to me is I'd get put on paid leave.
Authority over this deal.
Marvin, that's it. Pick. Me or Mark, who do you want to fix the water damage? It shouldn't be this hard, Marvin. You're hurting my feelings.
Oh, come on. He's not even wearing a water damage repair guy outfit.
Oh, yeah? You really want to fuck with me, Mark? Look at that. I stay ready for this shit.
Oh, bald! Bald! You're bald! You know what? You can have the job.
Maybe you can use it to buy a hair transplant.
Ouch. I forgot I was bald.
Well, now you get to fix the water damage.
No, I'm way too upset to fix water damage. We have police business to discuss. Can I come in and talk to you, son?
But who's gonna fix my water damage?
I don't know. We'll figure it out later.
Jeffy! Baby, have you seen Jeffy?
No.
Whoa, what's she doing? I heard you guys were yelling. Is this her trying to apologize?
I'm doing yoga.
No, I hate yoga. I'm not doing yoga. I just hate the word yoga. It always reminds me of Yogi Bear. You know, he's like, hey, boo-boo, with the stupid fucking voice he does. I don't know why he sounds like that. And then that makes me think of the baseball player Yogi Berra. That's not a name. That can't be a person's name. Is he named after Yogi Bear? Or is Yogi Bear named after him? See, I'm already pissed off. I'm confused. And then yoga makes me think about when you're hitting on a girl and you're like, yoga, let me get your number. You know, I hate the word yoga.
So why are we looking for Jeffy? Like, what do you need?
Oh, well, you see, your son stole 1 billion shekels worth of fruit from your neighbor.
1 billion shekels? How much money is that?
Don't worry, it's only 20 cents. Honestly, it's bullshit, but I told him I'd give him a quarter. So you have a quarter?
A quarter,
You keep your change in your zipper?
What? No, I didn't. Baby, do you have a quarter?
I have no need for earthly currency.
Oh my god. I have $1.
Don't give those people $1, Marvin. That's way too much money.
All I have is $1.
All right, fine. I told him I want change.
Well, you can fix my water damage now if you want to.
I thought we weren't calling him anymore.
What was that, bitch? What did she just say? You're not calling me anymore?
Oh, listen, I told you that we wanted to go with the cheaper option.
Okay, that's why you're handing out dollar bills, right? Because you're trying to save money?
No, listen, it's just like we don't want to do friendship and business. You know, we want to keep them separated.
Oh, okay. Well, I guess if I'm not your friend, I'm a cop. I guess I can just go arrest your son for stealing.
Oh, no. Okay, we are friends. You know, take the $1 and also, like, try to fix the water damage. I'm sorry.
Oh, okay. I'll go take a look at your water damage.
Yeah, buddy. So you see all the water damage on the floor?
Oh, yeah. The problem is you didn't drain your tub. Let me get right on that.
What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, don't mind me. I'm just a plumber. I'm not your friend.
But stop it!
No, I'm doing this to help you as a plumber.
Stop it! Stop it right now!
Have fun with that, you dick.
Just wow! Just fucking wow! Jeffy, did you really steal 1 billion shekels worth of fruit from the neighbor?
Yeah, I sure did, Daddy. I had to sell it so I can get a new laptop.
You got a new laptop? You really could make that much money selling this fruit?
Yeah, Daddy. What I did was I scammed this kid who was new at playing the game, and I took his frozen butterfly and also 1 trillion shekels.
What? Jeffy, you'd have to sell like an octillion shekels to get a new laptop.
Oh, octopus dick has 8 ball sacks and shit.
Wait, so you really can make that much money selling fruit in this game?
Yeah, I even sold my shocked frozen pineapple that I stole.
Wait a minute, do you think if you sold this watermelon you could pay for the water damage?
Yeah, I think I can slide my daddy a couple shekels, cause you know I got it like that.
Beep, 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 shimmy, shimmy!
Aw, who's a good kitty?
Baby, get the cat off the dinner table.
But Marvin!
Go on, get out of here, cat! Go on, get off the dinner table! No cats allowed on the dinner table, baby. Jeffy, dinner's ready!
Father? What the heck? You know I don't like green beans!
Jeffy, I made them different. I put something special in them.
What'd you do? Get a hamster and take a poop in them?
No, Jeffy, those are raisins. You're eating green beans and raisins, and me and Rose are eating macaroni and cheese and raisins.
Why don't I get macaroni and cheese and raisins?
Because you're a growing boy, Jeffy, and you need to eat your green beans.
Well, Father, I just got one question for you. Who's your dealer?
What do you mean, who's my dealer?
Whoever you buy your drugs from, because you're so high, I want to puff on whatever you're puffing.
I'm not puffing on anything, Jeffy. I eat your green beans.
Can I go eat them by the toilet?
No, because you're going to flush them down the toilet.
Can I eat them by the trash can?
No, because you're going to throw away the trash can.
Well, can I eat them in my room?
No!
Marvin, come on, let him eat it in his room. Where's he gonna put it anyway?
In his, in his pillowcase or under his mattress.
No, that's where I keep my crusty socks, and it's full down there.
Oh, all right, Jeffy, you can eat in your room, but I'm gonna come check on you in 5 minutes, and you better eat this. You better not hide it anywhere.
Okay, here I go to my room to eat my green beans.
Yeah, you better eat every single one of them. Better not find one on the ground. Oh, baby, I'm so full.
Me too, Marvin.
What? You didn't eat your raisins.
Because raisins are disgusting, Marvin.
They're grapes.
They are sad grapes and you know it.
I'm gonna go check on Jeffy and make sure he ate his green beans. All right, Jeffy, I'm coming to check to make sure you ate your green beans. Wait a minute. What? The front door's open. Rose, the front door's wide open. Your cat might have escaped.
What?
The front door's wide open, and I don't know if your cat got out.
Oh no, Pumpkin! Did you see him anywhere?
I haven't seen him.
Well, we gotta go look for him. Kitty, kitty, kitty!
Kitty, kitty, kitty!
Kitty, kitty, kitty! Oh no, Marvin! What if he got outside and got eaten by a coyote? My poor kitty!
Oh, baby, hold on. Before you start assuming stuff, and before we go outside, let me go check Jeffy's room. Maybe he's with Jeffy.
Okay.
Jeffy?
Yeah, Daddy?
Have you seen Pumpkin anywhere?
It's not Halloween yet, Daddy.
I'm not talking about an actual pumpkin. I'm talking about that orange cat.
Nope.
Because the front door was left wide open. Did you leave the front door open?
Nope.
Because if Rose's cat got out, she's going to be upset.
Nope.
Jeffy, did you eat your green beans?
Yep.
Then where's the fork?
Daddy, it was so good. I swallowed the fork too, but I choked on it like Squidward, like. But you wouldn't get it unless you seen SpongeBob.
All right, Jeffy, be honest with me. The front door was left wide open. If you tell me right now, I won't be mad.
Oh, fork dick has 4 tips. Pees out of all of them.
Jeffy, I'm being serious.
Me too. If you had a fork dick, that's what it would do.
All right, listen. If you've seen Pumpkin anywhere, you let us know because the front door was left wide open.
Oh, butter knife dick. Cuts butter and shit.
All right, Jeffy, you're not taking this seriously. If you see that orange cat anywhere, you let me know.
Got it, Daddy.
Okay, Marvin. I printed out missing pumpkin flyers for us to put around the neighborhood.
Baby, you didn't put a picture of the cat.
I know, but I put his name, Pumpkin.
Yeah, but we know his name's Pumpkin, but other people don't know his name, so they're gonna think you're talking about a missing pumpkin.
I am talking about a missing pumpkin.
No, I'm talking about like they're gonna think it's a pumpkin from like Halloween.
Oh.
Yeah, so go add a picture of Pumpkin.
But Marvin, I already printed out so many.
It's okay, you can print more. Go.
Okay. All right, Marvin, I fixed the flyers.
Baby, why didn't you use colored ink?
Because we ran out of the colored ink when I printed the last flyers.
Okay, I guess these will work. Let's go put them around the neighborhood.
Marvin, we should put them on stop signs.
Baby, that's dangerous. People are not gonna see the stop sign. They're gonna get in a wreck.
Yeah, but they'll see the poster of our missing cat.
Okay, we'll do a few stop signs. Come on.
Okay. All right, Marvin. We finished putting up the flyers around the neighborhood.
Let's just hope someone calls.
Hey there.
What? The cops? What are you doing here?
Did you find our missing cat?
No, but now I know you guys are the ones who've been putting these posters up on stop signs.
We thought that was the best place for people to see them.
Oh, I saw the poster. Don't worry about that. What I didn't see is the stop sign, so I T-boned a family of 6 in a minivan. Yeah, the van rolled like 15 times because I was going pretty fast, and 2 of them have been declared dead on the scene. The rest of them had to get life-flighted to the hospital. Oh, except for the one who's still trapped under the car. They gotta use the jaws of life to get him out, but still, he's gonna be pretty mangled. I didn't get hurt because I'm drunk, but I mean, hey, I'm sure as hell sober now. Yeah, that woke me the heck up.
Wait, so you didn't find our missing cat?
No, but if I see a gray cat, I will be sure to let you know.
Pumpkin's not gray.
I know pumpkins aren't gray. What the fuck are you talking about? I'm not stupid.
No, the cat Pumpkin isn't gray. He's orange.
That cat is gray. I'm looking right at him.
No, the printer ran out of ink. He's orange.
I cannot imagine that cat being orange. He is gray in my mind.
But why would we name a gray cat Pumpkin?
That's exactly what I was wondering.
Listen, he's orange. Just imagine him orange.
Okay, you should really put his name on the poster.
Well, see, that's what I thought, but Marvin didn't like it.
Oh, I like that way better.
But there's no picture of the cat on here.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I guess I only really know he's a cat because I already saw the other poster. You should really put these 2 posters together.
Hey, that's a good idea.
Yeah, just don't put them on stop signs. Put them on yield signs. Yeah, fuck yielding. I never yield. Anyway, how'd your cat get loose anyway?
I don't know. I was walking by the front door and it was wide open, and then I think he ran out when the door was open, and I asked my son if he left the door open, and he told me no.
Is he a liar?
What?
Is your son a liar? Is he prone to fabrication? Are his pants on fire?
I mean, he lies sometimes.
Well, I have a lie detector in my car.
In your car, you have a lie detector?
Yeah, I mean, I made it. I was on my way to the police station to interrogate someone with it, but I could use it on your son to see if he opened the door.
Yeah, go grab it. I want to see if Jeffy's lying about leaving the door open, if it was him or not.
Okay. All right, here it is, Marvin, the Truth Teller 5000.
Wow.
This is really a time machine?
No, it's a lie detector. You weren't listening.
Oh yeah, the time machine. Does it work?
It's not a time machine, Marvin. It's a fucking lie detector.
Oh, does it work?
Yeah, it works really well. See, whenever you tell a lie, it lights up red, and whenever you tell the truth, it lights up green. And if you tell a super lie, a horn goes off that says, liar, in my voice. Here, try it out. Put it on your head. There you go, Marvin. Are you bald?
No.
See?
Oh no, I have hair on the sides of my head.
See, Marvin, it works.
Okay, well, Rose, can you put it on? I have some questions for you.
No, I gotta go to the bathroom.
Well, I have questions.
No, believe me, buddy, sometimes it's better to not know. Check it out. Okay, Marvin, ask me if I have a big wiener.
Do you have a big wiener?
No. Call Jeffy in here.
Jeffy, get in here.
Yeah, Daddy?
We have questions to ask you, Jeffy.
Oh, roly-poly dick. Curls up in a ball when it gets scared and shit.
Yeah, mine does that too.
Listen, Jeffy, this is a time machine.
Marvin, I swear to God, let me do the talking. This is not a time machine.
Oh, time machine dick. Goes back in time and shit.
No, it's not a time machine, it's a lie detector.
Oh, lie detector dick. Detects lies and shit.
Yes, Jeffy, it's gonna detect lies. And did you leave that front door open?
No.
Well, we're gonna ask you with the time machine.
It's not a time machine, Marvin, god damn it!
Oh, we're gonna ask the lie detector.
Okay, I will put the helmet on his head. Jesus, come here. Alright, Jeffy, it's all set up. So if you're lying, the red light will light up, and if you're telling the truth, the green light will light up.
Oh, red light, green light dick. Stops and goes and shit.
Jeffy, if you do one more shit dick thing, you're grounded.
Oh, shit dick. Covered in shit and smells like shit and shit.
You're grounded, Jeffy!
Marvin, just ask you questions.
Alright, Jeffy, did you leave the front door open?
Yes.
You said earlier you didn't.
I know I lied.
Oh, okay, so now that we have a time machine, you're gonna start telling the truth?
Yeah, because you're gonna find out the truth anyway.
Oh, wow! Oh, wow, so there's no point in having the time machine then.
Marvin, it's not a time machine.
There's no point in having a lie detector then if you're gonna start telling the truth now.
Well, just ask more questions.
Alright, Jeffy, do you know where Pumpkin is?
No, I do not know where he is.
Okay, you're telling the truth with that. Did you leave the front door open on purpose?
Yes.
Well, why would you do that?
Because I'm a fuck.
Are you stupid like this all the time or are you faking it?
Yes.
What does that mean?
I don't know. That's new to me.
Alright, Jeffy, is there anything else you want to admit to?
Oh, Pinocchio dick. Gets longer as I lie and shit.
No, Jeffy, there was this one time that Pumpkin was covered in poop. Why was he covered in poop?
Well, because I wiped my ass with him after I took a shit.
What? You said he rolled around the litter box.
Well, he did that too. Fuck.
What? Jeffy, that is it. You're going to go to your room and you're grounded. You're not going to leave the room the whole weekend.
Alright, I'm going to my room and I'm totally going to stay there all weekend. I'm going to take this off.
Well, Marvin, you got the truth.
Yeah, but we still don't know where Pumpkin is.
Yeah, this can't really help with that. But hey, I'll leave it here so you can play with it. But I'm not entirely sure it's accurate because I haven't really calibrated it. But that little wiener thing was definitely true. Yeah, wait, fuck. I said that backwards. I meant, see, it's not accurate. I haven't calibrated it. So I have a big wiener, Marvin, and I'm going to leave this here for... I think there's something wrong with it. Maybe you shouldn't believe this machine. I have a big wiener, and I'm gonna just ignore that, and then I'm gonna head out. But if I see a gray cat, I'm gonna let you know.
It's orange. Okay, let's see if this thing is truly accurate. I, Marvin, have a big wiener. Okay, but it's not small, though. It's not the smallest penis in the world. How would you possibly even know that information? Oh, okay, well, if I was in a room with 10 guys, I'd be in the top 3 biggest. Oh, come on!
Hey, Marvin, I'm back from the bathroom. Did you finish your test?
Oh, yeah, turns out Jeffy's the one who left the door open.
Oh, well, Marvin, you know he's still just a kid.
He's 19 years old, baby.
Well, accidents happen.
No, he did it on purpose.
Oh, well, Marvin, we really should go look for Pumpkin.
Who's at the door? Oh, it's probably my package for big penis, reversal pills, because mine's so big.
Liar!
I don't know why it's screaming liar. This thing must be broken. It lies all the... It's not calibrated right, is what he told me. Hello? Pumpkin, you found him!
Where's my reward?
What?
The paper said I'd get a reward.
Oh, well, bring him inside. We'll discuss that.
Alright, I'm coming.
Oh, Pumpkin, you're back! Where did you find him?
He ran out in front of my Lamborghini and I almost hit him. The only reason I didn't is because I didn't want to damage my Lamborghini.
Oh, well, thank you for bringing him back.
Now, where's my reward?
What?
The paper said that there would be a reward, so give me money.
Baby, where's the money you're gonna give him?
I don't have any money.
So then why the fuck would you put reward on the paper if there wasn't gonna be a reward?
Well, I was hoping someone would bring him back because he's our pet.
Damn, I should have just hit him.
Well, listen, Pumpkin's back, everyone's happy. What were you doing coming here anyway?
Well, I wanted to come get your house payment, but I'm assuming you don't have that?
No, I have the house payment. Of course I have the house payment. I
always put this on.
Well, you don't even know what this thing is. It's a time machine.
Do you have your house payment this month?
Of course I do.
Liar!
Oh, listen, I have half of it.
Liar!
Okay, listen, I have most of it.
Liar!
If you just give me till tomorrow, I'll have it.
Liar!
Next week, I'll have it.
Liar!
Next month, I'll pay double.
Liar!
Okay, listen, this thing doesn't even know what it's doing. It's supposed to take you back in time or something.
Marvin, do you even have your house payment ever? Do you even try to pay your house payment?
I try to pay it every month. But baby, don't every day we sit on the couch and I go, I'm gonna pay my house payment this month. I'm really gonna try to pay it. That's what I'm gonna do.
Marvin, give me that.
What?
I'm going to cut off your balls and put them in a jar and pickle them. I'm gonna have pickled balls, and then I'm gonna play pickleball with it. And I'm gonna cut your balls off with the scissors that are in my ass. So I'm gonna give you a 5-second head start, Marvin, because I can't really run that well with scissors up my ass. That's why they tell you not to run with scissors. So, get running.
Okay, Marvin, are you ready for movie night?
Yeah, I can't wait to relax and watch a movie with you.
Hey, Danny, where are the straws?
Jeffy, don't bring a drink in here. You're gonna spill it.
I don't want to.
You're gonna spill it.
Okay, fine.
Jeffy, why'd you spill it?
Because you told me to.
No, I didn't.
Yes, you did. You said you were going to spill it. And I said, I don't want to. And you said, you were going to. So then I spilled it. I was only doing what I was told.
Marvin, calm down. Breathe.
You know what? Jeffy, you want to play hide and seek?
Hide and seek?
Yeah, let's go play hide and seek, buddy. Okay, Jeffy, so we're gonna play hide and seek, and you're gonna be the counter, and me and Mommy are gonna go hide. So stand in the corner and count to 10.
10? That's too hard.
Then count to 5.
That's still too hard.
Use your fingers.
I only have 4.
Then count to 4.
Okay, got it.
Okay, so stay in the corner and count, and me and Mommy are gonna go hide. And when you get to 4, come looking for us. But do not go check the room with the red couch. That room is off limits. We are not gonna hide in the room with the red couch, okay?
Okay. 1, 7, 9, 4. All right, I'm coming to look for you.
Ooh, I'm so bad.
What did you do?
I told Jeffy we're playing hide and seek, but we're not playing hide and seek. He's looking for us, and I told him that this room was off limits so we can sit here and watch a movie and he's not gonna bother us.
Marvin, that's mean.
No, it's smart, because now we can watch a movie and he's gonna be looking for hours and then he might get bored and fall asleep. So let's just watch our movie.
Where could they be? I bet they're behind the curtains. No, I bet they're behind the pillows. No, not that one or that one. What about underneath the cushion? What about this cushion? No, where could they be?
Marvin, I can hear Jeffy looking around for us out there. It's so sad.
Just focus on the movie.
But Marvin, I feel bad.
Don't feel bad. Feel bad that he poured water all over the couch. I had to wipe that up.
Oh man, I've looked everywhere and I can't find them. I guess I'm gonna lose hide and seek. I think I hear them. They must be in the wall. The perfect hiding spot. I'm gonna find you. I think I see him in there.
What's that noise?
It sounds like he's breaking something.
Jeffy! I'm coming, Daddy.
Jeffy! What the fuck are you doing?
Oh, hey, Daddy, you give up?
Well, give up? Why are you sawing a hole in the wall?
Because you and Mommy were hiding in the wall.
No, we weren't.
Then where were you hiding?
In the room with the red couch.
You said that room was off limits, so you cheated.
That doesn't mean you saw a hole in the goddamn wall, you idiot.
Stop hitting me.
I'm not hitting you.
Yes, you are. You're hitting me with your words and it hurts.
Jeffy, get your ass in that room right now.
Is Mommy still in the wall?
No, no one was ever in the wall.
So then why am I doing this?
Because you're a shithead.
That's fair. I am a shithead.
Come on, Jeffy.
Marvin, what was all that yelling? What did you do?
What did I do? No, Jeffy, tell him what you did.
Happily. Mommy, Daddy lied to me because he told me that we were going to be playing hide and seek and that this room was off limits. So I started looking around the entire house except for this room because this room was supposed to be off limits. Right, Daddy?
Yes.
Exactly. So then I hear voices, and not the voices that are in my head, but your voices. And it sounds like they're coming from the wall. So then I take a crowbar to that hoe, and then I start taking a saw and sawing the wall to help you guys get out. So if you're wondering why I did this shithead behavior, it's because Daddy lied to me.
Marvin, it does sound like it was kind of your fault.
How?
Because you lied.
I just wanted to watch a movie with you, and it doesn't mean that Jeffy should have sawed a hole in the wall.
I thought you were in the wall.
How would I have gotten in there?
I don't know. I haven't figured that out yet.
You know what? I'm gonna call a doctor to find out what's wrong with your stupid head. Maybe there's some medicine that'll make you think straight, and then I'll also call someone to patch that hole in the wall.
Hey there, somebody called Dr. Handyman? See, I'm a doctor and a handyman.
Well, Dr. Handyman, my son hit a hole in the wall with a crowbar.
Sounds like shithead behavior.
Indeed.
So I need you to fix the hole in the wall and then fix my son's brain.
Well, one of those things is much easier to fix than the other one.
Well, can you start with his brain?
That was the harder of the two.
Well, can you do anything to his brain to make him not act like that anymore?
Well, maybe you should consider that maybe he's just like this and you should learn to accept him.
I do not want to accept him. Can you do something to fix his brain, you know?
Well, since you asked twice, I do have this mind control helmet I stole from Area 51.
How'd you get to Area 51?
Well, they used to do tours back before COVID. COVID ruined everything. But while I was there, I stole this. So you put it on somebody's head and they'll do anything you tell them to do. And I mean anything. I mean, I've done unspeakable things with this helmet. I mean, things that would put me away for a long time.
So if I put this on Jeffy's head, he'll do anything I want?
Yeah, it will.
All right, Jeffy, put this on.
What if not have to?
Put it on!
All right.
Okay, Jeffy has his helmet on. Now what?
Well, you just take this remote and you hold the button down and tell him what you want him to do and he'll do it.
Okay, Jeffy, say please.
Please.
Jeffy, say thank you.
Thank you.
Oh my god, it works!
You guys are using it for lame stuff. I thought this would be more fun.
We just want Jeffy to behave and say his manners.
Well, but he'll do anything you tell him to do. Anything.
Oh, okay. Jeffy, tell me about some bad stuff that you've done that I don't know about.
Every time I hear the washing machine finish, I go downstairs and open the door and pee on all the wet clothes. So you think that the clothes are wet from the water, but it's really wet from my pee.
That's why my clothes smell like dry piss!
Oh my god, it does.
Ew!
Sometimes I take your toothbrush and put a little bit of toothpaste on it and brush underneath my toenails and my gooch.
What's a gooch?
It's the spot between your balls and your butthole.
Ew, Jeffy!
Every Thursday night I go outside and find a stray cat and I bring it inside and rub its ass all over your pillow.
That's why I feel like shit! Oh, okay, you know, I don't want to hear anymore, Jeffy. How about you go take a shower and go to bed?
Okay, I will take a shower and go to bed.
Oh my god.
I still think you guys are using this for lame stuff. I have fun when I do it.
Thank you guys for playing Ms. Monopoly with me.
Oh yeah, I'm having so much fun playing the girl version of Monopoly.
But Junior, each space represents something a woman invented.
Oh yeah, like the dishwasher, because women were tired of doing it by hand. And also the retractable dog leash, because women aren't strong enough to pull a real leash.
Well, Junior, they also invented Wi-Fi.
Thank you, Cody.
Whatever, I'm just glad you let me use the Amelia Earhart piece. Hold on, I gotta make it more accurate. Go find her, she's missing. And where's the space where you drop out of college and start OnlyFans?
Hey guys, old dude!
Oh, hey, Jeffy, what's up with the helmet?
Well, my daddy put it on my head because he thinks it controls my brain.
Does it?
No, but I made him think it does, so I screwed around with him for a little bit and then I got bored and came in here.
What was the last thing he asked you to do?
Well, he told me to take a shower and go to bed.
Ooh, you should pretend the water from the shower shorted at the helmet and electrocuted you. You should pretend you died.
Oh, that's a good idea. I'm gonna go do that.
Yeah, that'd be really cool. Can we play a different game?
Aww.
1, 2, 3, 4, I declare a thumb war.
Gotcha, bitch.
Okay, I give up.
I win. I am the thumb wrestling champion. All right, you're next. Whip out your thumb.
No, I'm gonna go check on Jeffy, make sure he's okay.
You don't have to check on him. The helmet will make sure he does what you told him.
I'm gonna go check on Jeffy.
Your thumb is scared. You're scared of my powerful thumb.
Jeffy, are you okay? Oh my god, Jeffy! Guys, I found Jeffy unconscious in the shower!
Oh no, the water probably short-circuited the helmet and fried his brain.
Oh my god, is he dead?
I don't know, but he could be brain dead.
What do we do?
There's only one thing we can do. Thumb wrestle!
What? No!
Thumb wrestle me, pussy!
No, save Jeffy!
Thumb wrestle me and I'll save him.
Okay, fine. Ow! Okay, you win.
Yes, I am undefeated. I have conquered every thumb that has crossed my path.
Well, help Jeffy.
Okay, let me see. Well, he has a pulse, so he's not dead, but he could still be brain dead.
Well, how do you fix brain dead?
Well, there's not much, but there is one thing. In medical school, I learned this sick-ass, nasty trap hip-hop song that could wake up anybody.
What? No way.
Oh, it's so hip, and it's so hop.
There's no way it's that funky fresh.
Oh, yeah? DJ, spin that shit.
Wake your brain dead ass up. Wake it up, I said. Wake your brain dead ass up. Wake it up, I said. Wake your brain dead ass up. Wake it up, I said. Wake your brain dead ass up. Wake it up, I said.
Wake your brain dead ass up. Get the fuck up off the couch. Time to get your body moving. Don't just sit there and lay and slouch. Yeah, your brain might be gravy, not coming back like it's Brady, but once you hear this sick-ass rap, your brain will be fixed. Well, maybe.
Wake your brain dead ass up. Wake it up, I said. Wake your brain dead ass up. Wake it up, I said. Wake your brain dead ass up. Wake it up, I said. Wake your brain dead ass up. Wake it up, I said.
Just wake up that damn brain. Listen to this rap that goes insane. Your brain's all twisted like a hurricane. Get that shit moving like a damn train. When you wake up, we'll pop champagne. Get some strippers and make it rain. Dropping these bars like Lil Wayne. This song's addicting like cocaine. Mic drop on your bitch ass. Shit.
Jeffy?
What's up, Daddy?
Your song worked!
I told you it would.
No, actually, the song didn't do anything. This helmet doesn't work.
Wait, you're telling me that mind control helmet doesn't actually work?
No.
Well, that means all the people that sucked me off actually just wanted to. Wow, I feel a lot better about myself. I thought I was a monster.
Wait. So you're saying that mind control helmet doesn't work?
No, I was faking it the whole time.
Wait, so but we asked you to do stuff and you did it?
Yeah, I was just playing along.
What the? So then what do we do now?
Oh, I'll tell you what we do now. We thumb wrestle!
Alright.
1, 2, 3, 4, I declare a thumb war. Ow, okay, you win!
Yay, I win!
Damn it, I'm no longer undefeated.
Okay, how about we get something productive done today and you go fix that drywall?
Oh yeah, well come on, Jeffy. Damn, Jeffy, that's a big ass hole. And this hole in the wall's pretty big too. It's gonna be hard to fix. But luckily in handyman school, I learned a sick ass rap about fixing drywall. So DJ, spin that shit!
Hey, Jonathan! Mama's having a yard sale to pay for an operation. You got anything I can sell? Jonathan! Damn it, he's sleeping. I guess I'll just grab whatever I want. What about this Hulk? Nah. Oh, what's this? Ooh, nudie mags. I can get a lot of money for that. Thanks, Jonathan!
Oh, Shuki, I thought you left. Don't ever leave me. You know Daddy takes really good care of you. I'll give those eye-holes a rest. I'll just grab one of my nudie mags. So, which magazine should I look at today? Wait, where's my magazines? They were just right here. Shuki, did you take my magazines? Don't you lie to me. Oh, Mom!
Yard sale! Everything's for sale!
Oh, dude, there's a yard sale? Oh, they have to have good stuff here. Like this! Oh, they have a comb! I always wanted a comb!
Joseph, you can't use a comb, you're bald.
Dang it, why do you have to be right?
Ooh, Junior, look, cleaning supplies.
Of course you want cleaning supplies, you're a woman, it's your natural instinct.
Shut up, Junior.
Bro, check this out! They have nudie mags!
Whoa, who is that? She's so hot!
Junior, stop looking at that.
What are these?
It's Playboy. You never heard of Playboy? The women get naked in the magazine.
You're telling me if I buy this magazine, I get to see her naked?
Yeah, dude. They're in their birthday suit, not their bathing suits.
Junior, if you buy that, I'm breaking up with you.
Okay, fine, I won't buy it.
Okay, let's go.
Dude!
Joseph, go distract her.
Oh, okay, I got you. Hey, Penelope!
Ow, that hurt!
Tag, you're it!
That's it, I'm gonna get you.
How much for all these nudie mags?
$200!
I only have $14.
Sold! But be careful, you might cut your hand on it, and some of the pages stick together.
Oh, because they're so old?
Yeah, that, or maybe because my son spanked it too much.
Okay, so I can have all these magazines.
Yeah, take them.
Oh my god, I get to see her naked.
10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
Excuse me, ma'am, but how much for this baseball?
$100 because it was signed by a famous baseball player.
Who's it signed by?
Who do you want it to be signed by?
Babe Ruth?
Oh, well, that's who signed it.
It is?
Yeah, just give him a minute. How's your day going, kid?
Pretty good, I guess.
Good. All right, here. Baseball signed by Baby Ruth, $100.
Oh, no freaking way, bro.
All right, well, then fuck you.
Mom, have you seen my nudie mags?
Yeah, I just sold them for $14.
You what?
Well, you weren't using them. They were sitting under your bed all crusty.
That's where I kept them. You know that. And I made them crusty.
Well, you can always buy new ones, because you know Mama needs the money for that new procedure.
I can't buy new ones. They were limited edition.
Well, my new tits are gonna be limited edition.
Well, where did they go?
They went that way.
Hey, come back here.
Oh man, I can't believe I have all these Playboy magazines and I get to see her naked.
Oh, dude, Penelope's coming.
Oh, help me hide the magazines.
Tag, you're it.
Oh, I don't want to play tag.
Oh, you're just mad because I got you.
You're right, I'm such a sore loser.
Well, Junior, do you want to watch a movie? We can get under the covers.
No, I don't want to watch a movie with you.
Why not?
Because you smell bad, you've been playing outside.
What? You're a boy. Boys smell bad.
Well, you smell like old dry period.
What?
Yeah, so go home and take a shower, then come back, we'll watch a movie.
No, Junior, once I leave, I'm gone.
Bye.
Oh, I hate you.
All right, Joseph, look. I have the holy grail of naked magazines.
Dude, no way! You own all of these?
Yeah, I only had to pay $14.
Oh, that's a sweet deal.
And I finally get to see this girl naked.
Oh, this is a Hooters edition? Oh, it's Scratch and Sniff.
Oh, it's Scratch and Sniff?
Yeah, Scratch and Sniff.
Oh, it smells like fish.
Yeah, ooh, I love it. Ooh, I'm keeping this one. Damn!
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 Damn! Pee-Pee's coming. Hide him.
Oh, good. Junior!
Yeah, Chef Pee-Pee?
Did you steal $14 out of my wallet?
No.
Junior, don't lie to me. That is 3 years' pay. I need my money, so run them damn pockets. Where my shit at? Run them pockets, fool.
Well, I did not steal your $14, Chef Pee-Pee. I borrowed it.
What did you buy with my $14?
Promise me you don't get mad if I just tell you.
Well, I promise I won't get mad. What did you buy?
I bought this blanket.
I know you did not buy a damn blanket with my money.
I was
you
told.
don't need a damn blanket. Damn!
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 Damn! Damn!
Damn!
Junior, where did you get all this from?
I bought it from a garage sale, and I used the $14. Please don't tell my dad.
You know what? I won't tell your dad if I get to keep this Pam Anderson edition.
No,
Pandemonium.
That's me and Joseph's favorite.
Oh, it's my favorite now, and I'm keeping it.
No! That's the one I wanted!
Aw, dude, Chef Pee-Pee took the best one.
Don't worry, Joseph. There's probably better ones.
Aw, this was lame. She's in a bikini. I need full nudity, big boobies.
Hey, guys, what are you doing?
Okay, Jeffy, don't tell anyone, but I bought these naked magazines at a yard sale.
Wait, these girls in these magazines get naked?
I think so. That's what I was told.
Oh, dibs on this one.
No, that's my girlfriend. I want to see her.
Oh, no, Junior. Check this one out.
Oh, is she naked?
Oh, bush like a porcupine, Junior. Check it out.
Who is he? Oh, my God.
Yeah, it looks like she's smuggling a ferret.
Joseph, you have to come see this.
Oh, dude, let me check it out. Damn!
She is so hot. Do you think all girls look like this?
Not all of them.
Oh, my God. Well, take this one down. That one's mine. I don't want you seeing her.
All right, well, which one can I have?
You can pick from any of these, but this one is mine.
All right. No. The twins? Dibs on the twins, Junior.
Oh, lucky.
All right, don't get caught with that, Jeffy. Come on. Come on, Joseph. Let's take these to my room.
Okay, bro.
There's just no customers today. How am I gonna afford my new tits now? Excuse me, ma'am. Whose ass has this pickle been in? Whose ass do you want it to be in? Oh, Simmons? That's right, ma'am. I came by to see if you're operating with a business license, because if not, I'm gonna have to shut you down. Oh, no, Mr. Ossifer. I don't have no biscuit license. I guess you're gonna have to take me in the back of your cop car and bend me the hell over. Oh, right away, ma'am.
Oh, Joseph, these are the hottest magazines I've ever seen.
I know, dude. They're so hot.
How much do you think these girls got paid to do this?
Oh, dude, not enough. Not enough.
There's someone at the door. Come on, let's enter.
All right, dude.
Hello?
Hey, you wouldn't have happened to have bought any nudie mags for your show, did you?
No,
never. What's a nudie mag?
Yeah, we're not even old enough to look at those.
Wait, then why are your eyes dilated?
We were playing I Spy in the dark.
Wait, let me feel your hands. Sticky! Where are my nudie mags?
Hey!
My magazines! Oh, I miss you so much, my babies! Oh, Mariah, Stephanie, you didn't take your undies off for them, did you?
Hey, these are our magazines now, and we paid $14 for them.
Yeah, we paid fair and square. They're ours.
Bullshit! These are worth at least $400. Well, $200 since they're heavily used.
All right, listen, I'm at least gonna keep this one. She's hot.
Caprice, my baby!
What about this one? She has big boobs.
You saw her boobies! You know what? No, you ladies are coming home with me. Come on, ladies.
But no, we paid good money for them.
You only rented them. They were never yours.
Oh, no, but I love Caprice.
Yeah, whatever. Oh, I miss you ladies so much. I'll never let you out of my sight again. Wait, where's the Pamela Anderson one? I know I had a Pamela Anderson one. Where is she? Oh, I'll find you, Pam.
Thank you for taking me to Arby's for dinner, Marvin. They have the meats.
Yeah, their roast beef sandwiches are good.
Speaking of roast beef sandwiches, I got 2 of them smacking together on page 47.
Jeffy, what are you looking at?
Boobies.
What, Jeffy, what?
They're twins, which means they're sisters, which means what they're doing on page 47 is incest. Why would they do that?
Jeffy, you're not supposed to be looking at stuff like that.
Marvin, he's 19 years old.
Well, I don't want him looking at stuff like this, so
I'm looking.
No, I'm gonna take this and put it in the bathroom so no one else can look at it.
Wait a second. Hey! Come back here, Marvin, and give me that magazine.
I was gonna rip it up into tiny pieces and throw it in the trash can.
No, you weren't, Marvin.
I was gonna flush it down the toilet.
No, you weren't, Marvin.
I was gonna put it in the bathtub and fill it up and see if it dissolved with the water.
No, you weren't, Marvin.
I was gonna try to put it in the air vent so it came out the chimney.
No, you weren't, Marvin. Give me that magazine.
Mine.
Give it to me.
Mine.
Give it to me.
Mine. Oh, I wanted that magazine.
Well, too bad.
There's someone at the door. You should go answer that.
No, we'll go answer. Come on.
Oh, the twins!
Hello?
Have you ever seen my Pamela Anderson magazine? The twins! I can't believe I forgot about you ladies.
Wait, this is your magazine?
Yeah, it was stolen from me at a yard sale.
Oh, well, here you go. You can have it back.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Oh, I wanted that magazine.
Too bad, Marvin.
Have you guys seen my Pamela Anderson magazine?
What, there's a Pamela Anderson magazine? I'll find it.
Not if I find it first.
Hey!
Ooh, baby, you looking so damn good in this bubblegum pink bikini. The things that I would do to you. Ooh.
I found her!
No, I found her first!
Oh, boys are weird.
Get away from Pamela! She's mine!
No, she's mine!
No, she's mine!
Give her back or I'll stab you!
Damn, you can have her! I'll finish with her anyway!
Thank goodness. Oh, come on, Pamela. You know I always have to finish on your cover.
Ah, gross!
No, Pamela! Oh man, I can't wait to play Fortnite with my friends. Okay, let me invite Joseph and let me invite Cody. I can't wait for them to see my Juice WRLD skin.
What's up, dude? Oh man, I can't wait to get some kills.
Joseph,
What's up, bro?
what is your skin?
Black? What kind of silly ass question is that, dude?
Hey guys, I'm here.
Oh no.
What's wrong?
Cody.
Yeah, Junior? Said my name, Junior. Did you mute your mic, Junior?
Oh, dude, I think his ass is lagging. Cheap ass internet.
They added Big Hero 6 to Fortnite!
Oh yeah, he's part of the new season.
Heck yeah, dude. I love this skin. This is definitely the hardest skin they dropped in a while.
It's not hard, Joseph. I'm not playing with you unless you change your skin.
Whoa, dude, that's racist, even for you.
No, I'm being serious, guys. I'm not playing with Big Hero 6. I will not do it. It's the worst movie ever.
But Junior, he's so cool.
And I spent so many V-Bucks on this damn skin, I'm gonna wear it. I could've chose Ice Spice and shake my ass all over this damn map, but I chose to keep it PG, and I chose Baymax.
No, seriously, Joseph. Change your skin or I'm not playing with you.
Bro, I'm not Michael Jackson. I can't change my skin at fucking will. Look. They're not gonna tell that I'm black on the game. I do need to change the alarm because it's been going off for a while, but they're not gonna tell.
Oh, listen, I'm kicking you, Joseph.
What, bro?
And I'm kicking you, Cody.
Oh, come on, Junior, don't be such a puss.
All right, no more Big Hero 6. I need to breathe. There's no way they ruined Fortnite like that. I'm just gonna play by myself as my Juice WRLD skin. I'm gonna play by myself. Okay, it's just me and another player left. I'm in the top 2. Where is he? It's a Baymax! Die, Baymax! Die, you stupid piece of shit! Oh, I'm gonna kill Baymax. I'm gonna win! Oh, die, Baymax! You stupid piece of shit! Oh, no way am I gonna lose to a Baymax! No, I'm not. No fucking way.
Man, I can't wait to try my firehouse casserole. Junior, what the hell is wrong with you? What are you doing?
I'm destroying my PS5!
Why?
Because I hate Big Hero 6!
What? The damn movie?
Yes, the damn movie, Chef Pee-Pee. It's the worst movie ever made. There's this 14-year-old boy named Hero, right? And he's doing underground illegal robot fights. And his older brother's like, you should go to college. He's 14, Chef Pee-Pee. Why would he go to college? He should be in high school. Oh, he's super smart. You know, he's really smart because he can build these nanobots that can build a skyscraper in 2 seconds. He doesn't need to go to college. He literally can sell that to a construction company and make billions. You know what? Hold on. Let me make a little thing to show you how I think the movie should have went. How Big Hero 6 should have went by Junior. Hey, Hero, you should stop doing underground illegal robot fights and go to college. But Tadashi, I don't need to go to college. I literally can build robots already. But Hero, if you go to college, you could probably get like a better career. And my college is having this competition thing that if you make the best invention, you get a free scholarship to college. Okay, I guess I'll try it. The day of the competition thingy. Alright everyone, I built these microbots that can literally build skyscrapers in 2 seconds out of nothing. They can just build big towers. Congratulations, you win the scholarship to our university. You know what, Mr. Professor, now that I think about it, I don't need to go to college. I literally just built this without college. I built microbots out of nothing. I think I'm just gonna sell this to construction companies for billions of dollars and retire at 14 years old. Hey Tadashi, didn't you build a robot balloon guy that can scan people and x-ray people and diagnose cancer and literally cure people? Yeah, you should sell that to the pharmaceutical companies for billions and we both retire and live on a yacht. Okay. And we both did that. We sold our inventions for billions, maybe even trillions of dollars, and now we live on a yacht and no one died in an explosion. And now girls with big boobies are giving us drinks. And even Baymax is getting a drink from a girl with big boobies.
So what does that have to do with your PlayStation that you just destroyed?
Well, they put Big Hero 6 in Fortnite.
So don't play Fortnite anymore. Problem solved.
You're right, Chef Pee-Pee.
Exactly.
I should go to the Fortnite headquarters and complain and tell them I'll never play the game again.
That's not what I said.
Thanks, Chef Pee-Pee. I'm gonna go tell them that if they don't take Big Hero 6 out of the game, I'm never gonna play again.
Please don't. Don't embarrass yourself.
Fuck yeah.
Sir, are you working?
Yeah.
Okay, sir. I need your character approvals for next season.
Where did I put those? No. Right here, underneath all of my money. Get that out of there. You did a good job on these, by the way. I really like Rosa Parks. That's a great idea. You already start out on a bus. It's perfect. Just make sure she jumps out the back. I love P. Diddy. That's a great idea. He's very popular right now. Everyone's gonna love that. Just make sure you do the emo where he squirts baby oil everywhere. That's gonna go crazy. Snoopy, I like the idea. Just make sure you fix the hitbox, make him a little bit taller, and give him a Woodstock backpack. People are gonna like that. Oh yeah, same thing with Garfield. Just give him a lasagna backpack and an emote where a little speech bubble comes out that says, I hate Mondays. Tell you what, let's only sell him on Tuesday through Sunday. Oh yeah, and then, what the hell is this?
That's Mickey Mouse, sir?
I know, but why is it Mickey Mouse?
Well, because Mickey Mouse would make us a lot of money.
See, that's the problem, Susan. I already make a lot of money. In fact, I make $20 billion a year on a free game. They don't have to pay money, but they do. If I release Mickey Mouse, the world is gonna go fucking bananas. Because then I gotta release Minnie and Goofy and Donald, and then I'll make so much money, I'll fucking die. I already released Mrs. Incredible, so I got the whole world jeebing out there right now. So maybe let's let my pants dry before I blow my load on Mickey.
I'll take that as a no. Sir, they want the old map back.
Yeah, well, you know what I would like? A little bit of fucking challenge in my life. Something to be hard for once, because I have the easiest life in the world. All I do is sit here and make money doing nothing. Jack shit. Do you know, I pissed my pants this morning just to feel something. I actually went into a Walmart today. A fucking Walmart, Susan, just to see what goes on in there. Turns out it's a store. I actually bought one of these things. Isn't that fun? Cost me $0.25. I haven't seen one of those since 2016. I had to borrow one from somebody else, and I had to pay them $100 for it with a $100 bill, because that's literally all I have.
Sir, can I take your lunch order?
Yeah, it's gonna be this, because this is all I eat now. This and sometimes a tomato with a face on it, because this is what food is to me now.
Okay. Oh, Mr. Fortnite,
No. Mr. Fortnite is my father. Please, call me Mr. Epic Games.
Do you seriously want me to call you that?
I do.
Mr. Epic Games, someone is buzzing at the door.
Oh, great, let him in. Maybe they have a storage unit I can put all of my money in, because God knows the banks won't talk to me anymore, because their vaults are all filled to the ceilings with fucking cash. I'm having to start burying my money like a pirate.
Okay. Sir, this gamer has a complaint.
Fucking finally, some conflict. I gotta light up a cigar for this. It's a special occasion.
You're releasing Mickey Mouse?
No, stop looking at me. All right. Let's hear it. What's your complaint?
I fucking hate Fortnite.
Oh, my man. I know, right? Fuck this game. Fuck that. It sucks, right? So come on, tell me, what do we do wrong?
You put Big Hero 6 in the game.
Oh, fuck Big Hero 6. Susan, what is a Big Hero 6?
Oh, he's talking about Baymax.
Baymax? Like Max Keeble? I know we were talking about putting him in. Did we actually add him?
No, he's the white balloon man.
White balloon man? Susan, did you put up in the game? I told you it doesn't make any sense. His hitbox is too small.
No. He's talking about the character Baymax.
Baymax.
A white balloon superhero.
White balloon. Oh, yeah, I think I approved that. You talking about this guy?
Yeah, I fucking hate that. Why the fuck did you put that in the game?
What's your problem with this guy?
He sucks. I hate him. I hate the movie he's based on.
Okay, so what does that have to do with Fortnite?
Well, you put him in the game, and I hate him, so every time I see him in the game, I turn the game off and I stop playing.
You stop playing?
I stop playing forever.
You're gonna stop playing forever?
Yep.
Well, then he's staying in.
I just said I was gonna stop playing the game.
Yeah, I know what you said. That's why he's staying in. Listen, kid, I hate this. I hate being this rich. I don't know what to do with myself. I am waiting for the day when Susan comes in and tells me I'm losing everything. Nothing would make me happier. I would cry tears of joy. So if this makes you stop playing the game, this is gonna be the whole next season. Fuck it, we'll do all the characters. Make them blue, I don't give a fuck.
I'm never gonna play ever again.
Oh, please, I'm already hard.
Well, I mean, I loved Fortnite.
Okay, now you're losing me.
But never since you add them in the game, I hate it. I'm gonna stop telling. I'm telling my friends not to play it anymore.
And I'm hard again. Oh, thank you.
No, I'm gonna tell my friends to stop playing. I'm gonna tell everyone to uninstall. I'm gonna tell everyone to delete it.
Please, I can only get so hard.
Oh, I'm out of here.
Oh man, I hope he does tell everybody to stop.
Sir, your battle bus is here to take you home.
I am so tired of that goddamn flying bus. I don't want to parachute home anymore.
Hey, Junior, you called us over?
Yeah, you done whining, dude?
Wait, Junior, did you make Baymax out of Play-Doh?
Yup.
Oh, dude, that's sick. I thought you hated Big Hero 6.
Nope, I only make things I love out of Play-Doh.
Yeah, that is your rule.
I just got done watching Big Hero 6 for the 3rd time. You know what my favorite part of Big Hero 6 is, guys? My favorite part of this amazing movie is that when Baymax and Hero are stuck in this time portal thing, the hole is closing up, so Baymax shoots his fist off, and Hero rides it, and he gets through the hole at the very last second, and then the portal closes, and you think Baymax is dead forever, no more Baymax. But guess what? Baymax put his little computer chip thing inside his hand, and Hero opens it up and says, "Ooh, here's a computer chip." You know what Hero does? Hero rebuilds Baymax like a fucking grilled cheese. Just remakes him. But just like that. Like, you know, his brother, his older brother, spent his whole life making Baymax. And his little brother just makes him. Just fuck it. Just can remake him like a goddamn grilled cheese. Nothing special. Can just make it like a fucking Lego castle.
So that was the thing you liked about the movie?
Oh, my favorite part. My absolute favorite. No, actually, no. It's a close one. It's a very close one. It's either that or my other favorite part is when the professor guy steals the microbots and he's mad that his daughter's missing inside the time portal. So you know what he does? You know what he does to get back at the world because his daughter's stuck in time and space? He rides nanobots around the city like a fucking surfboard.
Sir!
Not now, Susan. I'm playing my tiny violin because I'm so sad about how much money I have.
Well, sir, this might make it worse.
What?
Well, you remember that kid that came in here claiming that he hated Fortnite?
Oh, don't make me hard.
Well, now he's telling everyone to play Fortnite and buy that Baymax skin!
Fucking what? Why? He said he hated Baymax!
I guess he changed his mind. He's telling everyone to pay for it!
No. How much money am I making?
Billions.
No! Pull it! Take him off the store right now!
Okay!
Oh, God, no! Not money! Too much money! God, why do you hate me?
See, the plot just makes so much sense, guys, because look, if my daughter was stuck in time and space, I would try to steal an invention that would help me get her back. Not little microbots that can just build buildings. That doesn't make any sense. See, if he would have saw, like, Hero's invention, and Hero's invention, like, could go into space and, like, find missing people, I'd fucking steal that shit and blow up a building and kill someone. But you know what? No, I'm just gonna steal little nanobots and just ride it like a wave. It doesn't make any sense. It doesn't make any sense. And all the other kids in this college, they can build super cool shit. They can all build super cool shit. The news is on.
Breaking news, MK! Fortnite is removing the Big Hero 6 character skin because it was selling too many copies. Also, the CEO of Fortnite is now dead after his parachute failed to deploy after he jumped out of the battle bus.
Yes! They removed it! They removed it! Fuck you, Baymax! Fuck you! Fuck you, stupid Baymax, piece of shit, dumb Play-Doh fuck!
Damn, whoa.
There's no way you believe that, Joseph. There's just no way.
Totally way, dude. Marlin would have murked Lilo's ass.
Lilo's a human. Marlin's a fish.
But look, Marlin knew the sea turtles and the sharks. He had connections, dude.
But Marlin was a pussy the whole movie.
A pussy with connections. That's a fast-moving pussy.
But Lilo has connections too because Stitch is an alien with 4 arms, and there's Pleakley, and there's Jumba, and then there's the Child Protective Service guy named Bubbles.
Didn't one of them wear a wig?
That's Pleakley.
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
Oh, Cody, please sell an argument. Who would win in a fight? Marlin from Finding Nemo or Lilo from Lilo and Stitch?
Definitely Marlin, right?
Lilo.
Where's the fight happening? On land or in the ocean?
Lilo said his ass can get it anywhere. She can do it on land or she can do it in sea. In the movie, in the beginning, she's swimming underwater. She gives Pudge the fish a peanut butter and jelly sandwich.
Oh, well, that's not what fish eat. She shouldn't be doing that.
Well, she did it anyway.
She would not survive in the water for that long.
She can hold her breath.
No, the hell she could.
She's a good swimmer.
Ah, fuck it.
Well, still, I mean, I think the fish she fed that PB&J to probably died because his gills got all gunked up with peanut butter. So I'm gonna say Lilo because she has a record of killing a fish.
Thank you, Cody. Common sense.
No, the hell it's not.
You know, speaking of PB&J, Junior, pretty hungry, Junior. Let's have some dinner, Junior.
Yeah, let's get some grub, Junior.
So what do you guys want for dinner?
Ooh,
how about some big old corn on a cob?
As a meal?
Yeah, hell yeah, why not?
Okay, how many cobs you want, Joseph?
About 6.
Wait, so we're doing this? We're having corn on the cob for dinner?
How many cobs you want, Cody?
How many cobs? I don't know. Can't we have something fun like toaster strudel?
You know what? That sounds good too. I love me a good toaster strudel.
Oh yeah, I love me some toaster strudel. I've had that before.
What's the matter, Junior? You don't like toaster strudel?
I love toaster strudel. I eat those. I eat those all the time.
You've never had toaster strudel, have you?
Yes, I have. I eat one every morning. I just had one right before you guys came over.
Oh yeah, then what do they look like?
They look like a.
Is it a hot dog with a stick in the middle?
Yes.
No, the fuck it's not. You lying son of a bitch. Oh, that is a corn dog.
Okay, I don't know. I've never had a toaster strudel 5.
I can't believe you do.
You have to have a toaster strudel.
You gotta try one now.
Oh, okay, fine. I'll go get one. I'll go to the toaster strudel store. To toasterstrudel.com.
Store?
I'll ask Chef Pee-Pee for one. And I'm gonna make it. Hey, Chef Pee-Pee, do we have any toaster strudel?
Oh, hell yeah, we do. It's my favorite meal. Here you go, little bitch. Get your strudel on.
Can you make it for me?
Oh, hell no. No, sir. I am your dad's slave, not Junior's slave. And I am currently on break, so I'm not doing any extra work.
Okay, how many minutes do I put it in the microwave?
You're so stupid.
I don't see any microwave instructions.
Say it one more time. What instruction?
It doesn't have microwave instructions.
Dumbass.
Can you just tell me how many minutes to put it in the microwave? It just says toaster instructions. I'm just gonna put it in there for 2 minutes. Okay, make 3 of them. Put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. Yeah. It smells like they're done. Oh yeah. That looks like a toaster strudel to me. Heck yeah, it does. Alright guys, I'm done making them, but I don't know why you like them so much. They smell like burnt shit.
Jesus, Junior, what the fuck did you do?
Dude, did you burn 3 Hot Pockets?
No, I made the toaster strudel like you guys wanted.
What is that, blueberry?
No, it's strawberry. The box said strawberry.
It's black.
Oh, hey, watch what you say. You know what, I'm gonna let it slide, because it is black.
Well, look, it's strawberry.
Junior, you overcooked it. How long did you leave it in the toaster?
I didn't use a toaster, I used the microwave.
You used a microwave to make a toaster strudel.
Dude, it's not a microwavable strudel.
Well, there was no microwave instructions on the box.
Well, you should put it in a toaster, because it's a toaster fucking strudel.
Well, listen, it doesn't matter how you heat it up as long as it's cooked.
Clearly it matters. Clearly it does.
Right way, dude. It's gonna end up like 3 black bricks. And you didn't even add the icing.
I'll be honest with you guys, I was super concerned when I saw whatever the hell that was. I thought maybe those were used condoms.
Junior, it's the icing. It's the best part.
Well, listen, I almost put that in the microwave too.
How about you just put it in a toaster?
Well, I don't know where a toaster is. I couldn't find a toaster, but the microwave was right there.
I bet there's a toaster down there. Do you know what a toaster looks like?
Oh no, I'm worried now, dude.
Maybe we should just go make it.
No, I will make it. I will make I was screwing with you guys. This is all a joke. I've made toaster all the time. It was just a big prank because these were expired, so I made them. I just wanted, it was a joke. I can make them right.
Laugh, though.
I'm gonna make them right. How do you do this? Okay, how do I? Chef Pee-Pee!
How'd that microwave work out for you, baby?
Apparently you're supposed to use a toaster.
Mm-hmm. You finally getting it. You getting it up there in your noodle.
Okay, so how many minutes do I put them in the toaster? Asking how many minutes is not a dumb question.
It is if you ask them to read the box.
The box doesn't say minutes. It says 1 to 2 cycles. What the hell's a cycle? You know what? I'm just gonna push it down and wait for them to pop up. Okay, it looks like they're done. But how do I get my hand in? Ooh, that's hot. Let me grab a fork. Okay, let me get it out.
Ooh, you sure you want to do that, my boy?
Well, the toaster strudel's hot.
Right.
And if I grab it, I'll burn my fingers.
Right, good thinking.
So I was gonna use the fork to get them out.
Yeah, that's a good thought. But are you truly using your noodle? Like, are you truly using it?
Well, I don't want to burn my hands, so I was...
Good, fair point.
So I was gonna get it out.
But the fork is made of metal. You know what? Fuck it. I bet you $20 you won't do it.
Well, how am I supposed to grab it?
Hey, you got a fork. Do it.
Okay, I'm just gonna just get it.
What the hell?
Dude, is it storming outside?
No. You know what? Let's go check on Junior and make sure he's not doing something stupid.
Yeah.
Oh, what happened? What? Is that me?
Hey, Junior, how's the toaster strudel coming?
Yeah, dude.
Oh my fucking god! Junior stuck a fork in the toaster!
No, you're so damn stupid. Why would you do that, dude? You think he's still alive?
I'm gonna call a doctor.
Please. Oh, Julia, why would you do that? You freaking idiot.
What are you guys talking about? I'm right here.
Julia, breathe, nigga, breathe.
I'm right here, Joseph.
Oh, bro, we should have just had corn on the cob. It's a safer meal.
Wait, why can't they see me? I'm right right here, guys.
Hey there, somebody call a doctor?
Yes, doctor, my idiot friend stuck a fork in a toaster.
What kind of fucking idiot would do that? Does your friend have a history of being this stupid?
Unfortunately, yes. It's something dumber and dumber each day.
That's right, doctor.
What kind of dumbass puts a fork in a toaster?
My friend, I think he was trying not to burn his fingers and he used a fork.
Exactly, Joseph.
Tragic fucking moron.
I know. Look, he tried to cook it in a microwave, so that should tell you how dumb he is.
Oh, what a stupid fucking dumbass.
Is he dead though, doctor?
Let me see. Oh yeah, he's super dead.
I'm not dead, I'm right here.
Look at down me.
Gonna have to tell his dad.
No, I'm not dead, guys, I'm right here.
Junior, you idiot. We should have just had corn on the cob.
I'm right here, guys.
Oh man, I can't wait for the new episode of Charlie and Friends.
Hey.
What the hell? Why is there a doctor in my room? Are you here to check my prostate?
Well, I can do that while I'm here, but no, I have something very important to tell you.
There's nothing more important than prostate health. Check my damn prostate.
Okay.
Woo! Doctor, why are you using 3 fingers?
Well, that's just how I was taught. The real question is, why does 3 fingers fit?
Fair question. I have a fairly big remote in my room, so I have a lot of spare time.
Yeah, I can see that. It's pretty spacious back here. It's like the trunk of a Honda Accord.
Thank you. I keep it vacuum. Tell me what you see back there.
Well, I do see some polyps. I think you might have diverticulitis.
Damn! Oh, bro.
Well, you keep it pretty clean, so I'm not going to wash my hands.
I appreciate the compliment. Well, what did you come here for?
Oh yeah, your son's dead.
Oh, fuck! Well, at least there's one less mouth to feed.
Well, that's not really how most parents react to that news.
I am not most parents. No, how did he die?
Well, he stuck a fork in a toaster like a big stupid fucking idiot.
Yeah, he is a dumbass. What a waste of breath, right?
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's really amazing that he didn't die until now. You know?
Yeah. Can you imagine just like from birth to right now, just a waste of fucking life?
Yeah, seriously. I mean, you would think he would have like swallowed his tongue by now or something.
Or choked on a damn battery.
Yeah, like some other stupid idiot fucking death. I can't believe it took this long.
Yeah, he could have fell off of a bridge at like age 8. He was that stupid.
Yeah. I mean, at least it wasn't a smart kid that died like this.
Oh, bro, that would have been a waste of life. Even worse.
Yeah. If he was like a smart kid who like went this far, he had like his whole future ahead of him. That's just your stupid idiot, dumbass, dipshit son. So I guess it's fine.
Can you believe like if Stephen Hawking was a dumbass and stuck a damn fork in a toaster?
No, he would never. He's not that stupid.
Yeah.
I mean, who is that stupid?
Right.
Oh, dude, I can't believe Julia's dumbass is dead.
I fucking can. Look at this. Nobody who does this is smart enough to live. He microwaved a toaster strudel. A fucking toaster strudel. Context clues like a motherfucker. I mean, not one brain cell in that boy.
Oh man, you do have a point.
I already called Penelope over to tell her the news.
Penelope?
Hey guys, what's going on?
Oh, remember Junior, your boyfriend? He's fucking dead.
What? What happened?
His dumbass stuck a fork into a toaster.
What an idiot!
I know, I can't believe he's that fucking stupid. Unbelievable.
I fucking hate him!
Yeah, I don't blame you. I'm sorry you had to date a stupid ass.
It was more like a Make-A-Wish situation.
Yeah, I could tell. I could definitely tell.
Make a wish!
His dumbass actually thought Lilo could beat Marlin in a fight.
I tried to tell him.
Yeah, I know. I agreed with him just to shut him up because you know how he gets when he's on a roll, you know? But I mean, come on. Stitch would drown in water and the ocean's big and there's like rip currents and shit.
But Stitch not fighting!
He's 3D and the other one's 2D. I mean, you can't even.
It was Lilo versus Marlin!
It's worth the
Stupid
conversation.
I know,
Exactly. God damn it.
I
hate him.
Who am I gonna date now?
Me!
Smarter, hopefully. I mean, you can definitely do better.
Cody, are you straight?
Fuck it, I am now. Want to make out?
Yeah.
What the hell? What is going on?
Man, I need somebody to make out with.
Wait, what is happening? There's no way!
Hey, dipshit, wake up. Wake up, you stupid idiot fuckface. Hey, moron, dumbass, wake up. Hey, you fucking moron.
Oh,
Hey.
wait, what happened?
What happened? Your dumbass stuck a fork in a toaster and almost died. That's what happened.
What, am I dead?
No, because I said you almost died, you fucking dipshit.
Oh, here you go, you dumbass. I'm surprised you even did it, but here's your $20.
What? I mean, listen, how else am I supposed to pull the toaster strudel out of the toaster?
You wait for it to cool off, because sometimes food gets hot, so you use your fingers, or maybe a paper towel. Literally anything other than a metal fork, you fucking moron.
Okay, well, is the toaster strudel still good?
Is it good? It's a fucking toaster strudel. It's amazing. Of course it's good. Have you never had a toaster strudel?
No.
How old are you?
16.
You're 16 and you've never had a toaster strudel. The only excuse for that is if you were like in some kind of indigenous tribe on an island somewhere that had never had contact with the outside world. Then that would make sense. What the fuck is wrong with you? Everybody loves toaster strudels. If you gave those people a toaster strudel, they would put it on top of a temple and to say it was their god or something. They would think it was like, they wouldn't know what the fuck to think. It'd be like handing them an iPhone. It's just fucking magic. They don't fucking know. God, you're fucking stupid.
He's right.
Can you make me a toast?
Fucking no.
Hey, gang, let's go outside and play catch. I want to play catch with my old man.
It's too hot outside, Jeffy.
Well, then we can do it inside.
No, we can't. Ow! You don't hit me with a baseball.
Oh, it's on now. See.
No, Jeffy, stop it.
No, please don't throw that at me. Please, I don't want. Please don't do that. Oh, you motherfucker!
Marvin, I have an idea. I want to go on a vacation. Summer's almost over and we haven't done anything.
Well, vacations cost money.
But Marvin, I want to go on a cruise. Oh, to the Bahamas.
Okay, well, when you have money to go on a cruise to the Bahamas, then you let me know.
Oh, I want money.
There's someone at the door. Listen, just close your eyes and just pretend you're on a luxurious carnival cruise.
I'll be the boat. Danica, don't get my reef wet in this motherfucking pool. Ruby, I told your way to stop pissing in the goddamn pool. We're on Hellcat of the Seas, mommy.
I feel more relaxed already.
Hello? Goodman, what are you doing here?
Marvin, let me in. It's hot out here. I have an old man in a wheelchair. You want him to die of a heat stroke?
What? No, come inside.
Good.
So, Goodman, what is going on? Why is Chives in a wheelchair?
Well, I'm glad you asked, Marvin. I was backpacking the Serengeti looking for a family of elephants to poach so I can get new elephant asshole suits.
And by backpacking, he means that he was my backpack.
That's right. I was on Chives' back carrying all my luggage in my Louis Vuitton trunk. And can you believe it? We made it 27 miles before the son of a bitch's knees buckled and he tore his MCL and his ACL. So he's gonna be in a wheelchair for 6 months. So who's gonna get all my groceries and run all my errands and get me the things that I need?
I guess you're gonna have to get someone else to do it.
Well, thanks for offering, Marvin.
Well, I'm not gonna do it.
Yes, you are, because Chives is gonna live here for 6 months and you're gonna take care of him.
But he can't live here for 6 months. We'll take him to an old person's home.
This is a home, Marvin. This is Marvin's home for the elderly and the disfortunate.
Well, I don't know how to take care of an old person.
It's easy, Marvin. All you gotta do is just wipe his ass and give him his catheter.
I haven't peed straight since the accident.
Yeah, what he means is, we went to a movie one time, and I didn't want to pay for Twizzlers, so I had him shove them down his urethra.
I got to 4 before it ruptured.
And we still finished Kung Fu Panda, didn't we?
Yes, sir.
Oh, listen, Goodman, find someone else to do it. I don't want to do it. What if your card declines?
You hear that, Chives? He said decline. He thinks I'm a poor. Marvin, I've never heard the word decline. Not from a card, not from a bank, and not from a girl during anal.
But listen, that doesn't have to do with anything. Listen, you're gonna hear decline for the first time ever now. I decline doing this for you.
Shut the fuck up, Marvin. You're gonna do this? Because if you don't, you're gonna be evicted as fuck. And then I'm gonna shave a line down the center of my head, and I'm gonna put on a stupid red shirt and a blue tie and sit on the couch and do nothing.
Oh, okay, I'll do it.
Okay, good. So, there, take that. And, Chives, you better shit every 5 minutes like you did on my $40,000 Alcantara seats, you fuck.
Oh, okay, so, what do you need? Anything you need?
Yes, but you can't provide it.
What is that?
I have hemorrhoids.
Who's at the door, Marvin?
A burden.
I'm sorry, I don't want to be alive either, but he won't let me die.
Marvin, what is going on?
Goodman dropped this old man off at the front door and wants me to watch him, and he gave me his credit card to buy him whatever he needs while he recovers. But, Jeffy, what happened to your clothes?
Oh, me and Mommy were still pretending that we were on EBT of the Seas. We were about to do the wobble on the Lido deck. Wobble with it, wobble with it, wobble with it. Get in there. Yeah.
Marvin, how long do you have to watch him for?
6 months.
Oh, man, we're never gonna go on a cruise.
Wait a minute. I got the greatest idea of all time. Goodman gave me his credit card. What if I use his credit card to book all of us a 7-day cruise?
I'm sorry, I can't let you do that.
Why not?
Well, because Goodman has a tracker put up my ass. If I leave this house, he'll shove a porcupine up it.
Okay. Okay, well, can we go on a cruise and you just stay here and, you can just have the credit card?
No, I'm sorry. If you left, I would have to report it to him.
Okay, well, we're not going to do that. I was just joking. Baby, hold the credit card.
Okay.
It's time for you to go doo-doo.
But I just went doo-doo in Goodman's car.
Yeah, but we gotta go wipe that ass.
All right, Mommy, let's get in line for endless Guy Fieri cheeseburgers.
Okay, get in there.
Wait, this isn't the bathroom? Hey, did you just lock me in a closet?
Yeah, we're gonna go on a cruise.
Oh, you better not! I'm telling Goodman! Can I use your phone? I don't have one. Oh, wow, it's actually pretty spacious in here.
Much bigger than my room at Goodman's house.
All right, baby. Use that credit card to book us the most longest, expensive cruise you can find.
But Marvin, isn't that old man gonna tell Goodman?
Oh, no, I just talked to him about it. He's okay with it.
Really?
Yeah, so hurry up and book it.
Okay, I'll look.
Oh, get an expensive one.
Ooh, Marvin, there's a 21-day cruise in the Caribbean!
Oh, Pirates of the Caribbean, dick. Yo ho ho and a bottle of rum and shit.
Ooh, we'll make sure there's a hot tub in the room.
Oh, Marvin, there's one and it's 2 stories.
Does it have a slide?
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, book it.
Yeah,
Okay.
book that.
Okay. Oh, I got it! And Marvin, it's boarding today!
All right, everyone, let's go pack our thing. Oh, hold on, my phone's ringing. Hello?
Hey Marvin, why am I looking at a $21,000 transaction from Carnival Cruise Lines on my credit card statement?
I thought statements came at the end of the month.
No, Marvin, I get a notification on my phone every time a transaction's made on my credit card. And it came across my phone and I said, I know goddamn well Marvin is not booking his own personal vacation on my credit card. You're way too lazy to need a vacation. What do you need a vacation from? Sitting on your ass all day?
I did not book a vacation on your credit card. I did not do that.
Okay, well, I'm on hold with Carnival Cruise Lines on my other phone, and I'm on hold for 10 minutes. So you better not have made that transaction, because if you did, I'm gonna take a hole puncher, and I'm gonna hole punch the tip of your dick, so when you piss, it looks like a sprinkler.
Wait, no, that's not necessary. What did you say the charge was for?
Carnival Cruise Lines, $21,000.
Oh, that was for Chives. That was Chives. We bought him an electric wheelchair. It's called a Carnival Cruiser Line wheelchair.
Does it have a fucking clown face on it with a red nose that you squeak?
Well, the horn is a clown nose, but the wheels look like Ferris wheels.
Ferris wheels?
Yeah, it's a Carnival cruise. Like, he wanted to drive around like Stephen Hawking. We were tired of pushing him around.
Well, I swear to God, Marvin, he does not need that.
Oh, well, he listen, we just wanted to make sure he was happy. But look, when you get on the phone with Carnival Cruise Line, they're never going to have heard of me, and they're going to say it's not with them.
They better not, Marvin.
Okay, yeah, goodbye. Okay, we have to hurry up and fucking pack and get on that boat before Goodman realizes it's us.
But Marvin, I don't know what to wear.
Pack all your clothes for 21 days. Grab all your luggage. Go.
Okay.
Right, Jeffy, where is your shirt and your helmet?
I don't know. I took it off.
And where'd you put it?
I don't know. It was all a blur ever since I started doing the wobble. Wobble with it, wobble with it, wobble with it. Yeah.
Jeffy, go find your shirt and your helmet. You better fucking find it. When I get back with all my clothes, you better hide your shirt and your helmet. Okay, I am ready for this cruise.
Daddy, you look like you're gonna play a pickup game of basketball, but no one's gonna pick you.
Marvin, I'm all packed, but now I need to pick out an outfit to wear out the door because I want to look cute.
Okay, wear that dress and put everything else in the suitcase. Let's go, we gotta go.
Marvin, I can't wear that dress. It's not pink. It won't match my hat.
Okay, well, then put the dress in the suitcase and wear the pink striped shirt.
Marvin, I can't wear stripes. It'll make me look fat.
Then why would you even bring the striped shirt? Leave the striped shirt, put everything else in the suitcase, and wear this pink shirt.
But Marvin, those are my just-in-case outfits.
I don't have time for this. Jeffy, please tell me you found your helmet and the shirt.
Almost.
What do you mean, almost? If you haven't found it, you haven't found it. How do you almost find it?
Well, I've looked everywhere it's not, so I gotta be getting close.
Where have you looked?
This area. And in a few minutes, I'm gonna turn around and look that way.
But Jeffy, we don't have time for this fucking shit. Please find your shirt. They're not gonna let you on unless you have clothes on.
I'm looking.
Where were you looking?
Up there.
It's not gonna be up there, Jeffy.
It might be.
It wasn't.
No.
Okay, then don't look. Look somewhere else.
Marvin, I need your help picking out an outfit.
Oh, let them put all your stupid clothes in the suitcase, please. We gotta go. Goodman's gonna find out we're not gonna be able to go.
Uh-oh. Marvin, I can't find my shoes.
Where are they at?
I think the bathroom.
Well, then go get them.
Okay.
What? Did you find it?
No. What does your shirt say?
It says looking sharp with a cactus on it.
Gay? And why are you wearing a sweatband? You don't sweat. Is it because you're wearing that shirt over your polyester polo?
What? No, it's because I'm gonna go use the gym in the Carnival Cruise.
Marvin, I need your help.
With what?
Marvin, come here.
Jeffy, please look everywhere for your stupid ass helmet.
Okay.
Okay, what's going on?
Marvin, my shoes are in the bathroom, but the bathroom door is locked and I can't get in.
Who's in there?
1 minute, don't get occupied.
Oh, it's Shrek. Shrek, we need to grab some shoes that are in the bathroom.
You don't want to come in here, donkey. It's horrid in here.
I've smelt your shits before, Shrek. Just let me in. I need to grab these shoes.
Hold on, donkey. Oh, donkey.
Oh, God. Oh, it smells so bad.
Donkey, I have C. diff.
What is that?
It's a bacteria infection in my asshole. It smells awful in here.
Oh, my God. There's some shoes in there. Can you grab them?
You don't want me to do that, donkey, because I've been wiping my ass and my fingers have been breaking through the toilet paper and it's like little green sausages in my asshole.
Marvin, I need my shoes.
If I get those shoes for you, you're going to have to incinerate them.
Marvin.
Can I just buy you new shoes?
No, I need them!
Oh, okay, I'm gonna come in there, Shrek.
All right, proceed with caution, donkey.
Oh God, hold on.
Oh, how much shit can be on one asshole? God fucking damn it!
Shrek, where are the shoes?
They're right there, donkey. They're right next to the farm zone sign.
What? Roller skates?
You might want to put those on and skate on out of here, donkey.
Okay, I will.
Oh, donkey, before you go, can you hand me the Clorox wet wipes, please? Please, just hurry. I'm gonna need you to put them in my asshole like a tissue box, donkey.
No, I'm not
gonna kill the bacteria.
No, I'm not doing that.
Please, donkey.
Okay, baby, here's your roller skates you needed so goddamn bad.
Thank you, Marvin. Will you help me tie my shoes?
If you already had shoes, why did I get you stupid roller skates?
Because I need the roller skates to roll around on the cruise ship.
Okay, listen. Pack your stupid roller skates. Put all your clothes in there.
Wait, Marvin, before you pack all my clothes, am I wearing too many flowers? I don't want to get stung by a bee.
Well, if you think you get stung by a bee, change your clothes. But listen, we don't have time. Pack your stuff. We gotta go. Jeffy, where did you find your helmet and your shirt?
I don't know. Like, somewhere over there.
All right, listen, we gotta go, guys. We're getting in the car. Come on. We're getting in the car. I got the credit card. Let's go.
But Marvin, help, Marvin!
This is the life. I can't believe we got away with going on the cruise.
Yeah, this is nice.
Hold on, I'm getting a phone call. Hello?
Marvin, you motherfucker! You did book a $21,000 Carnival cruise on my credit card!
Yeah, sorry about that, buddy.
Well, consider your dick hole punched!
Well, you got to punch it in 21 days. Beep! That was good, man. He's pretty upset.
Where's Jeffy?
Wow with it! Get in there! Yeah!
Until Christmas.
That's a shitload of time, Santa.
Not for 2 billion kids, it's not.
But not all of them are nice.
Well, we gotta at least make 1 billion toys, and one fucking Etch-a-Sketch is just not gonna work.
But those are really hard to make. They're full of sand, so I keep having to go to the beach with a bucket.
And what's your excuse, Orna?
I made a monster truck, Santa.
You made one fucking monster truck in 4 months?
Well, Santa, it has 4 wheels. That's a wheel a month.
Give me that damn thing. Get to work!
Ow!
Hey there. The cops. Santa, I gotta use the bathroom.
That fella looks like somebody who's wanted for some pretty terrible crimes against children.
He is.
Well, Santa, I hate to have to do this to you, but I got a warrant for your arrest.
A warrant? What did I do?
Well, apparently you killed the Easter Bunny in a drive-by shooting.
No, I didn't.
Santa's voice gets high-pitched when he lies.
Orna, shut up. No, I didn't. I didn't shoot anybody.
Well, the rumor is that he was banging your wife.
Oh, he was. He was banging my wife.
Well, maybe you killed him out of anger?
No, I didn't kill him out of anger. Fuck no.
Okay, well, I'm still gonna have to arrest you all the same.
Do you know who the fuck I am?
I do, sir, yes.
I'm Santa Claus!
Yes, I know, but you're under arrest, sir. Come on.
Order! I am the Honorable Judge Poohbear, and today we will be hearing the case of Santa Claus, who is being accused of shooting and killing the Easter Bunny in a drive-by shooting. Naughty. Mr. Claus, how do you plead?
Not guilty. I didn't do it.
Very convincing. But let's go over the case. Apparently, the Easter Bunny was having sexual relations with your wife. Is that true?
Oh yeah, he banged the shit out of her.
I'm so sorry about that. And did knowing the Easter Bunny had your wife bent over like this, did that piss you off, knowing he was doing that to your wife?
Oh, fuck yeah. It made me want to shoot him in a drive-by shooting.
Now, it is weird that you say that, because you are being accused of shooting him in a drive-by shooting.
Oh, well, I didn't do it.
I would like to believe you, but we also have this 911 recording from the Easter Bunny on the night he died.
Hello? 911? It's me, the Easter Bunny. Santa just shot my ass. He just pulled up in a car. He shot me.
He was probably hallucinating before he died. I don't fucking know.
I have a question for you, Santa. Where were you on the night of December 30th?
I think I remember that night and where I was. I was in the passenger seat of a car with a gun in my hand, riding around listening to YNW Melly's Murder on My Mind.
He was listening to Murder on My Mind by YNW Melly.
Well, fuck. You got me.
Finally, the truth, Mr. Santa Claus. I find you guilty of murdering the Easter Bunny. But since he was banging your wife and you did tell the truth, after just a little bit of lying, I sentence you to be the Easter Bunny this year. That means you have to hide the eggs for all the kids and do Easter Bunny things. And if you don't do it, I sentence you to death by firing squad.
Easter Bunny? I don't want to do that gay shit. Can't see shit out of this thing. This is gay as hell. Nobody wants eggs. They want presents. Who invented this damn holiday anyways?
What the fuck? Howdy! There's some guy with a bunny rabbit mask dressed as Santa Claus throwing eggs in our yard or some shit. I'm gonna go yell at him and tell him to stop it. Hey, what the fuck you think you're doing in my yard?
I'm the Easter Bunny. Delivering your damn eggs. Be happy.
Well, if you don't get the fuck out of my yard, I'm gonna threaten to call the police. Ah! Assault! Assault! You see that? I'm gonna call the police on you for assaulting me. There he is, officer. The fuckhead in the bunny rabbit Santa suit that threw eggs at me.
Hey, buddy, what are you doing?
I'm delivering Easter eggs. I'm the Easter Bunny.
Oh, you're the Easter Bunny, huh?
Yeah, I was court ordered to do it.
Oh, yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Hey, you've been drinking a lot tonight, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can see that. How about you just go home and sleep this off? How's that sound?
Well, no, I gotta deliver all these eggs to all the yards.
Oh, all of the yards?
Yep.
Okay. Yeah, well, I mean, you're doing a great job. I think
Thank
you're
you.
actually supposed to hide them, not just like throw them around on the lawn.
Oh.
Yeah, and it looks like you're running out of eggs.
That's okay, I got more in the truck.
In the truck?
Yeah.
So you've been driving like this?
Yeah.
Oh, that's not good. Hey, how about you just go home and sleep this off, huh?
No, I need to deliver all these eggs to all the yards.
Yeah, that's not going to work for me because I'm going to be getting a lot of calls about people complaining about a Santa Bunny just throwing eggs at people. That doesn't sound like something I want to deal with tonight. Okay, well, now I'm going to have to take you down to the police station for throwing eggs at me. No?
No.
Okay, well, now we're at now we're at the point where I'm not asking, so come on.
Order! I am the Honorable Judge Fullback, and today we will be hearing the case of... I'm sorry, Mr. Drunk Man with the bunny mask, what is your name?
I'm the Easter Bunny.
See, Your Honor, I'm sorry. We're not going to get any answers from him tonight. He's so drunk. He thinks he's the Easter Bunny.
Actually, I'm Santa Claus.
Yeah, see what I mean? He's hammered.
I see. Well, sir, you are being charged with littering eggs in a person's yard, public intoxication, and assaulting a police officer by throwing eggs in his face. Take your mask off so I can see who you are.
What? Santa Claus? Why are you dressed like the Easter Bunny?
Oh, shit! Damn it, Officer Guy! I sentenced Santa Claus to be the Easter Bunny this year because he murdered the real Easter Bunny in a drive-by shooting.
Wait, you got caught? Are they looking for the driver? I mean, damn, Santa, I didn't know you were on the naughty list.
Yes, he's free to go. He has to go deliver eggs for all the children. But Officer Guy, I order you to assist him in his Easter Bunny duties, or else you will be held in contempt of court.
Okay, sir. God damn it. Well, I guess this is better than getting busted for helping Santa with a drive-by shooting. Come on, Santa.
Marvin, it's Easter. We have to go paint eggs and hide them before Jeffy wakes up so he can go look for them.
Baby, isn't he too old to celebrate Easter? We need to tell him.
No, Marvin, we can't tell him. He loves looking for the eggs. Oh no, here he comes!
Where the fuck are they?
Where's what?
The bunny rabbit turds. Little pelts of rabbit shit. Like Cocoa Puffs. Cocoa shit puffs.
Well, Jeffy, I don't think the Easter Bunny poops on the ground.
He's gotta poop somewhere.
Well, he doesn't poop while he's delivering his eggs, and you should be looking for eggs.
Okay, well, let's go outside and look for them. Come on, Daddy.
Okay, give us 1 second.
Marvin, you don't have any eggs out there.
I'm gonna improvise. Just hold on.
No eggs and no bunny rabbit fuck.
Jeffy, stop with the bad language.
You stop with the bad language.
Listen, the reason why the Easter Bunny hasn't delivered eggs yet is because there's a 97th annual town Easter egg hunt, and he decided to deliver all the eggs in one spot instead of all around the place because of flood zones.
Okay, let's go. I'll go grab my basket.
All right, let's go.
Thank you, everyone, for coming to the 97th annual Easter egg hunt. Pardon this rash on my lip. I kissed a hooker last week, and I'm starting to get worried. Remember, kids, never kiss a hooker. They're not people. Anyway, a little birdie told me the Easter Bunny himself is gonna be here later.
Holy fucking Easter egg! Fuck!
Jeffy, language.
No, Daddy, the Easter Bunny's coming! You better go get in your suit!
I'm not the Easter Bunny, Jeffy.
Yes, you are!
When's the Easter Bunny gonna be here?
Well, actually, the real Easter Bunny was shot to death back in December, but we have somebody else coming to stand in for him.
Who?
There he is now! Jesus Christ, Santa, you couldn't put the bottle down for 1 minute?
This is my last one.
What? No, say hi to the kids.
Ho, 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 ho.
Stop saying ho, ho, ho. The Easter Bunny doesn't ho.
What the fuck does the Easter Bunny say?
Jesus, your beer breath. I can smell it through the mask. I don't know, say hippity hoppity or some shit.
Hey, hippity hoppity, Easter's on his way!
Yeah, hop.
Huh.
Okay, I can see why you weren't in the NBA. Say hi to the Easter Bunny, kids!
Holy fucking dick cheese in the morning, Daddy! It's the fucking Easter Bunny! It's him! He's here!
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of like him.
Okay, kids, one at a time. You don't want him to throw up on you.
I can handle my shit.
God, he's a fucking mess.
Hey, Easter Bunny, can I sit on your lap and tell you what I want for Easter?
Sure.
Okay, I want the golden egg, and when I open it up, fucking $1 million in it.
Yeah, me too, kid.
Hey, Mr. Easter Bunny, can you blink?
Don't hit the Easter Bunny, please.
Wait, something ain't right.
No, don't.
Santa Claus, you're the Easter Bunny?
No, he only killed the Easter Bunny.
Ah! He killed the Easter Bunny and he's wearing his skin like the Texas Chainsaw Massacre!
No, the Easter Bunny has to go now. Come on, Easter Bunny.
Jeffy, calm down. No, calm down.
All right, Santa, you're free to go. Santa, I gotta use the bathroom again. You know, I know he's on a list somewhere.
He is.
Yeah, I don't feel like chasing him. Well, Santa, how'd you like being the Easter Bunny?
Well, it was gay as hell.
You know, Santa, we don't really say that word anymore.
Oh, well, it was gay as fuck.
No, I didn't mean hell. You know what? Never mind. I just hope me helping you out today makes you think about possibly getting me the Home Alone Lego set for Christmas.
I'll think about it.
Okay, thanks, Santa. Hey, can I actually take this?
I wouldn't touch that if I were you.
Why not? Oh, ew, Santa, ew!
Well, Santa comes more than once a year, you know.